Note along with the decisions, which decisions I have.
ଭଲ କି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଟିକେ ଦେଖେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖ ହାଇଲାଇଟ୍ ମାରି ଦେଇଛି ପାରା ବି ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି କାଲି ଯୋଉ ଦୁଇଟା ଡିସିସନ ସାଇଟ୍ କରିଥିଲି ଏୟାର 2009 ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦି 2022 OLR ଅଫ ଦିସ୍ ଅନର କୋର୍ଟ ସର୍ଟକଟ୍ କରିକି କରିଦେଇଛି ଡିସିସନରେ ବି ପାରା ଗୁଡା ହାଇଲାଇଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି Obliged.
Well, it's item 1. It has become infructuous.
One infamous. Mr. Devara submit that. Who is the opposite party? Not there. Acha, ठीक है.
Page number 2, item 9 to 20.
9
permitted to withdraw, my lord. I have filed demo, my lord.
9 permitted to withdraw.
Item number 10 and 12. Both the matter are going to withdraw, my lord.
Okay. Is it 10 and
12, my lord.
give them 10 and 12 also permitted to withdraw. Yes.
Page number 3, item 21 to 26.
21.
No. Page number 4, item 27 to 33. Page number 5, 34 to 40.
30.
35 or 36. Who is time?
35, 36. 35 state government. 36 also state government. ठीक है? You have no problem. State doesn't have any problem. They want the more the merrier. Anyway, 2 weeks time like that. 20th February. Next.
Page number 6, item 41 to 50. Page number 7, 51 to 62.
Your Lordship, item 51. It has become infructuous.
51.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Well, what is your name?
Sakshi Rao. Sakshi Rao. I do not have the power, Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S.P. Mishra.
Okay. How can you be on SB Mr. Senior? How can you on behalf of Mr. SP, his name can be written here? Senior, acha, son be SP Mishra. Oh, okay, sorry, sir. Take it. Opposite party government. Okay. So we are withdrawing. Good. Next.
Page number 8, 63 to 68.
Item 66. I'll file a substitution petition. Other side is there. Let it come.
So the land council for the petitioner wants to file a substitution application. Said is allowed. You want to file? You have not
Yes.
filed yet.
No, I have not. I have received instruction. I'll file.
Needs 1 week time to file substitution application. List the matter on 12.
65.
65 कौन आला?
I think 65, Your Lordship, that matter when one-time settlement has arrived, only require 1 week time to pay the entire amount and it will get settled. I've taken consent money of Mr. Rajit Roy, counsel for the other side.
Okay. 65, yeah?
65.
Okay, 65. List the matter on 13.
Obliged.
On the request of the land petition. Next.
Page number 9, item 69 to 78.
60, yeah. Next.
Page number 10, item 79 to 81. Page number 11, item 82 to 92.
Item 86, Your Lordship. The matter has come off after 2016, so need some time to prepare for the matter.
86. 86.
Okay.
When do you want?
Next week,
15. कर दे.
interim order to continue match.
Interim to come. 4-5 वर्ष धरा एंजॉय करू छंटू इंटरव्यू में बैकअट करा गो आगे बैकअट करा धंधा लगे छो इंटरव्यू में 5-6 वर्ष एंजॉय करा सडनली प्रिपेयर हेनी पड़ी व्हाई
Sorry, Your Lordship.
सीधी इंटरव्यू में कंटिन्यू लेखन पिछले लेखन आज यार भी करा ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଯେତେବେଳେ 5 ବର୍ଷ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କଲା ପରେ ଫେର ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମୋଡ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କାହିଁକି?
ଗୋଟେ time thought.
କୋର୍ଟ ହିୟର୍ସ ବୋଥ ସାଇଡ କାମ ଗୋଟେ ପଟ ପାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ କୋର୍ଟ ଆର ପଟ ପାଇଁ ବି କୋର୍ଟ
Understood.
you should know that କାଲି ଲଗାଟା tomorrow next
Page number 12, item 93 to 103.
My lord, item 98.
98
Yes, my lord. NI Act, it is going to be settled. I have taken consent of the other side. Today morning, I have taken consent from the other side. Let it come after 2 weeks, my lord. Sir.
after
After 2 weeks, my lord.
ଏଥିରେ ବି ଅଛି ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡର ଅଛି
Is on bail, my lord.
Well, okay 98 this the matter on March ଲାଗୁ 6th March
Of like.
next
Page number 13, item 104 to 109. Page number 14, item 110 to 120.
My lord, 118, my lord. Finally taken out 2 weeks out. Conviction matter, my lord, petitions are on bail, my lord.
LCR ମଗା ହେଇଛି ସବୁ ମରା ହେଇଛି 2 ହପ୍ତାହ କଣ ପାଇଁ
Conviction matter.
କନଭିକ୍ସନ ମ୍ୟାଟର ନୁହେଁ ସେଟା
Again.
ହଁ ତ ଆର୍ଗୁ କରନ୍ତୁ
2 weeks after.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ 2 ୱିକ ଦିଆହବନି ଆର୍ଗୁ କରନ୍ତୁ 13 ରେ ଆର୍ଗୁ କରନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
Item 117, man.
117
Kindly taken up 2 weeks after, man.
Hmm?
2 weeks after.
2 weeks after କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ସବୁ ରେଡି ଅଛି
Notice has been already issued and notice has been served. But nobody was appeared, so Mr.
ନୋବଡି
Das
ଆପିୟର ମାନେ କିଏ ନୋବଡି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
opposite party, man.
ଆଜି ବି ଆସିନି କି
No, man.
ଠିକ ଦେଇଦେ ସେଇ 13 ରେଟ୍ ବି ରଖ
No,
My lord.
13
no, item 110, my lord. 110, my lord. Can you take my lord 1 week after, my lord?
110
My lord.
110 କଣ କହିଲେ ଆଉଥରେ କହିଲେ
110, my lord.
110
Can you be taken, my lord, 1 week after, my lord?
କଣ ପାଇଁ
My lord, conviction matter, my lord. Not the conviction matter, my lord.
you are in you have got bail
My lord.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆଉ ବେଲ ଥିଲେ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ କାଲି ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ କହନ୍ତି ଲଗେଇ ସେଇ 13 ରେ ଲଗ
Pardon to make a mention, my lords. Item 108. The petitioner counsel has expired in the meantime. 1 week after the instruction.
100
108, your lordship.
108
I have informed Mr. Danan Mahapatra's associate.
so you are for whom
Petitioner.
who died
PK Das.
okay don't consider for the petition what is your name
Rupam Mishra, your lordship.
that the counsel for the petitioner has died in the meantime he needs some time to take instruction from the petitioner this matter 26 February
Your
Next.
lordship, item number 116, kindly 1 week time may be granted.
116
Yes, your lordship.
why
Your lordship, on the last date, your lordship has directed to give a judgment regarding waiving of the sentence of imprisonment in NIA Act.
Hmm.
In that light, I'm unable to find one. I have 1 week time, pray for 1 week
କେତେ ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ନେବ ମ କେତେ
One
ଦିନ ଆଗରୁ 2 ଥର ଲାଗି ସାରିଲାଣି ଇନ ଦି ମିନ ଟାଇମ
last.
ଗୋଟେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କାଢିବା ପାଇଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ତମକୁ 7 ଦିନ ଲାଗୁଛି ବୋଲେ କାହିଁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରୁଛ କିଛି କରନି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କଣଟା ଆଜି ଖୋଜୁଛ ଏତେ 30 ବର୍ଷ ଖୋଜୁଛ ବସିକିରି 3 ଥର ଟାଇମ ନେଲେଣି ସେଇ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଖୋଜିବା ପାଇଁ go and find out the judgment
Your lordship, I have searched it.
not search it you have not searched it properly ଦେଇକିରି SCC ରେ ରେଡି ଅଛି ବସିକି ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମିଳିବ 10ଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବି ଏଠି ତମକୁ 5 ମିନିଟ ଭିତରେ 50ଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଦେବି
Yes, with regard to compounding of the offense, with
ମିଳୁନି
regard to compounding of the
ସେଇ
offense,
କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡିଂ ରେ ମିଳିବ
yes, I have got.
ଆମେ ଖୋଜିଲେ ମିଳିବ ନା ନ ଖୋଜିଲେ ମିଳିବ
Your lordship,
ଆଉ ବାହାର କରିଦେବି ମୁଁ
no, your lordship, I will provide your
Then,
lordship. I
ମୁଁ
will,
ବାହାର କଲେ କେମିତି ବାହାର କରି ସାରିଦେବ କାହିଁକି ତମକୁ ଟାକ୍ସ ଦଉଛି ତମେ ନହେଲେ କିଛି କରିବନି
no, your lordship, I
ଖାଲି
will,
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ପଇସା ନେଇ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରିବ ବାକି ଖୋଜିବି ମୁଁ
No.
କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ ଖୋଜିବି
no, last chance with that. I will definitely bring on the
ହଁ
last.
ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ
Yes,
ଦେଖ ଲଗେଇଦିଅ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ଲଗେଇଦିଅ ଏପ୍ରିଲ କୁ ଯାଅ ଖୋଜୁଛ ବସିକି କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଖୋଜୁଛ ହେଲା ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମାନେ ଏପ୍ରିଲ 8 ଯା ଖୋଜ ବହୁତ ଟାଇମ ମିଳିଲା ଖୋଜ ଆରାମସେ
Kindly give one. I will provide your lordship. Kindly.
Then why are you not giving this? 2 ଥର ଟାଇମ ନେଲେଣି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଖୋଜିବା ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି କାଲି ଲଗା କାଲି
Oh, yes, lordship.
ହଉ ମଣ୍ଡେ କରିଦିଅ 12 12
Obliged.
ଶୀଘ୍ର ଖୋଜିଲେ ସିନା ହବ ଆଉ ଯାଇକିରି ଏବେ ପାନ ଗୋଟେ ଚୋବେଇକିରି ଚା ଗୋଟେ ମାରିକିରି ଏଠି ଘୁରିଲେ କଣଟା ମିଳିବ ମିଳିବ
ଯୋଉଟା କାଲି ଅଛି on behalf of Manoj Kumar Mishra interim order ଟିକେ ପାଇଁ କାଲି ଅଛି
କୋଉଟା
86 your lordship
ଆଇଟମ 86
ଆଜ୍ଞା
86 ଡାକିଲା ବେଳକୁ କାଇଁ ମେନସନ କଲନି ତମେ ଥିଲା
ନା, ମୁଁ କରିଥିଲି your lordship ପାଇଁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ନାଇଁ mention କରିଥିଲେ tomorrow ଆସୁଛି ତ
Tomorrow.
କଣ ଅର୍ଡର କଣ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା
tomorrow ଆସିବ
ହଁ
tomorrow
ହଁ ଟୁମୋର ଆସିବ କଣ
interim order କାଲି ଯାଏ
ହଁ ଟୁମୋର ପାଇଁ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ନମ୍ବର ପାଇଁ ଦେଲି ଟୁମୋର ପାଇଁ ଚାଲୁ
obligation.
until the next date of listing ହେଲା ଟୁମୋର ଆଉ ଆଶା କରିବନି ଆଇଦର ଦିସ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ଅର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ଜିତିଲେ ଫାଇନାଲ ନହେଲେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ନମ୍ବର ଭ୍ୟାକେଟ୍ କରିଦେବି ଆଉ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିଲା ଯେ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିଲା ତା ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ନମ୍ବର ଭ୍ୟାକେଟ୍ ପକ୍କା ସେ 7 ବର୍ଷ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ନମ୍ବର ଧରିକି ବସିକି ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛ କୋଉଠି ଲାଗୁନି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଲେ ଲାଗିବ ନା ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ଲାଗୁନି ଡେଟ୍ ନଦେଲେ କେମିତି ଲାଗିବ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ବି ଖସି ଯାଉଛି ବେଳେବେଳେ 5 ବର୍ଷ 6 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟେ ଆସିବ
Yeah, I beg to pardon, my lord.
ୟେସ୍
Item or 17,
17
my lord.
ଆପଣ 17 ବେଳେ ଡକା ହେଲା କାଇଁ କହିଲେ
More ଟିକେ
17 କଣ ଅଛି
April or କାଲି 1 week after
ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍
state.
ଆଉ କିଏ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନାହିଁ
ନା
1 week after 13 ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲାଣି 15 କରିଦଉଛି 15
15th March.
ହଁ 15 ଫେବୃଆରୀ
February
ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଦୂରକୁ ଯାଏନି unless I have a ଖୁନ୍ଦକ if I have a ଖୁନ୍ଦକ then I will go to April May
23 ଟା କର ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ରହିବି 23 May
ଅନର୍ସ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିଲା ମୋର ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମେ ପଳେଇବ
23
ଜେନ୍ୟୁନଲି ମାଗିଲା
23
20
23
23 କିଛି ଖାସ୍ ଅଛି କି କିଛି ଭଲ ଡେ କି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ବର ନାଇଁ
ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ
Friday.
ସନ୍ତୋଷୀ ମା ପୂଜା କରି ଆସିବେ
ମୁଁ କୌଣସି ମୋ ବାପା ମା ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆଉ କୋଉ ଠାକୁର ପୂଜା
ଓ
କରିବି
ବାବାରେ ହଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ
ହେଲା 23
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ
item number 2
May I please your lordship? Challenging the order dated 8/11/2023
ଏଇଟା କେତେ 2 ନମ୍ବର
item number 2
under Annexure 3, the petitioner has filed this variance. The petitioner is an accused under section 7 of the EC Act and facing trial 2013. Till date, the trial
କଣ
could not
ଏସି ଆକ୍ଟ କଣ
essential commodities.
ଓ ଆଚ୍ଛା ପୁରା କହିବେ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ସର୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ
Sorry,
ଜାଣେ
sorry.
ଇସି ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେନି ପୁରା ଏସେନ୍ସିଆଲ କମୋଡିଟି ଆକ୍ଟ କରିବି
During pendency of the trial, the petitioner filed a petition before the learned magistrate to grant necessary permission to went outside of the country. That was rejected in this order. The learned
କଣ
magistrate.
ତାର ଏଇ କଣ ଥିଲା କଣ କରିଥିଲା ସେ
18ଟା ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ଷ୍ଟୋର ରେ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି this is the allegation of
ସେ
the
କଣ କରି ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର କଣ କରି
this is a combined house.
the
Other family members are living separately.
accused kept 18 gas cylinder in his house
That was the allegation as per the FIR.
what do you do what is your profession hotel
18 ନାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାଡମ ସିଏ କିଛି ବିଜନେସ କରେନି ସେ ଏଣ୍ଟାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଯାକ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର କରି ରଖିଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ଟୋଟାଲ ଟା
ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି 18ଟା ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର
ହଁ
କେତେ ଜଣ କି ତାଙ୍କ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିରେ
ଏତେ ଭାଇ that was not within my knowledge but it is
18ଟା ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ରଖିବ within your knowledge
ଗୋଟେ ଖୋଲା ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ଆଉ 17ଟା ହଉଛି
ଏଟା ବ୍ଲାକ୍ କରି ବିକୁଥିବେ ଆଉ କଣଟା କରିବେ ଆଉ 18 ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର କଣ
17 numbers
ତା ଘରେ ତ ଭୋଜି ହଉନଥିବ ଏମିତି 18ଟା ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ହେଲା ଭଳିଆ even I remember one family which is very near to my village they have family members of 180 family members joint family
that
still
was
they don't use 18 cylinder
that was the allegation
ପଡେନି ଏତେ
that is the allegation since 2013 I was regularly appearing before the court.
sir I am not on that I am on that what are you doing with that
I was not queried from my client what was he doing in that but I was not queried.
what
This is the allegation your
this
lordship
is
may kindly
allegation this is serious allegation sir 18 cylinder ବାକି ଲୋକ ଯୋଉ cylinder ଖୋଜିଲେ ପାଉନଥିବେ ଆପଣ cylinder 18ଟା ଧରି ବସିଥିବେ stashing of cylinder people who are struggling to get one cylinder they are not getting in time you are stashing 18 cylinder at your home
this is
naturally
this is
essential
the allegation
commodity
but
act will apply to you.
somehow I was facing the trial since 2013 no evidence was till date
So, one day you didn't appear
no
Huh?
I was regularly appeared
then
but
why it was cancelled
no my lord
Then?
a permission was sought for from the court
Okay,
to
okay.
went outside of the
To
state,
go outside.
outside of the country.
What କଣ କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ profession ଟିକେ ଜାଣେ ମୁଁ outside କଣ ପାଇଁ ଯିବି
Petition,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା ବି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ outside କଣ ପାଇଁ ଯିବି
ମୋ ପୁଅ ରହୁଛି at Chennai, at,
ଚେନ୍ନାଇ outside
no, my lord, at China.
ଚାଇନା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି ବିମାର ଫିମାର ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ ବି ଏବେ କ୍ୟାନସେଲ କରିଦଉଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଭେରାଇଟି ଯୋଉ କଣ ବାହାରିଲାନି କହୁଛନ୍ତି
But
ଚାଇନା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି
my son
ପୁଅ
is,
ଯଦି ପଛିଛି କଣ ସେଠି ଗଲେ ଚଳୁଛି ପୁଅ ଫୋନ କରି କଥା ହଉନି
but this is the, ଦେଖିକି ଆସିବି ଚାଇନା,
ଓ ସେ ଏକଦମ
and my son is suffering some disease.
who suffering
My son,
what is suffering
my lord, in the
ଗପ କହିବାକୁ
petition,
ପାଇଲେନି suffering କି suffering
my lord,
ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କଣ କରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ 18ଟା ରଖିଦେଲା ସବୁ ମତେ କହିବେ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ିବି ନହେଲେ ତାପରେ ଛାଡ଼ିବି ବଟ୍ with all information I have to record ହେଲା ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଡିଟେଲ ଖବର ନେଇକି ଆସିବି
Let him serve a copy on Union of India.
ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Passport is required.
ହଁ ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଇଏଟା ନା ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଇମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଛି
no, permission
He has
ହେଇନି ନା.
applied. He has applied for passport.
Applied
The
for passport.
contention.
Applied for passport.
ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପାସପୋର୍ଟ କୋଉଠି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଟୁ ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ
My lord,
ତ ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ସେମାନେ ଦେଲେନି
permission,
କେସ୍
there was a, in the passport application, there was a contention.
ହଁ
Prior-
କନଭିକ୍ଟେଡ ନଟ୍
Madam.
ସବୁ ଲେଖା ହେବାକୁ ପଡେ
Prior permission is required from the court. For that reason, I am
ଆର
appeared,
କିଏ କହିଲା ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଥିବେ ତ
my lord.
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ବାଲା ତ ଏମିତି ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଅପଡେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି
My lord.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାରେ
Prayer before the court below is
Pending before this lawyer, he also applied for this lawyer also allowed this.
allowed then फिर कौन सी जगह
Lawyer court to ଯିବାକୁ
lower court allow कला
rejected.
No,
Rejected.
lower court has rejected my,
this is lower court rejected
my lord. Annexure 3, running page 811/2000.
ଏଇଟା ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କାଇଁ ରିଲିଜ କରୁଛ ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବାରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା ମୁଁ allow କରିବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଡିଟେଲ ଟିକେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡିବ I will allow
My lord,
without anything I'm allowing it but tell me the
I will
details.
inform, my lord.
Keeping in mind gravity of a କେଡେ ବଡ offense ହେଇଗଲା ଏଠି ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବନି
I have not received copy my lord.
ଟେରରିଜମ ଫେରିଜମ ଏସବୁ ସେଥିରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଦେବନି ପାସପୋର୍ଟ nature of case I am not inclined to grant my god क्या क्या लिखते हैं ये लोग? person to travel abroad तो पासपोर्ट मागुचे ट्रैवल अब्रोड ପାଇଁ कोड मागिले पासपोर्ट तार हेने ट्रैवल अब्रोड केंदी हेबा yes mister you are asking for seeking permission to travel abroad or you are seeking permission to get the passport
Get the
so why is
passport.
it written travel abroad ये भाई कौन ये जज माने भी खतरनाक वाले जेएमएफ से खरियार
Para 4 of my petition annexure to your lord.
he is asking for his passport to be done he is writing he is stopping him he is traveling abroad you take instruction ହେଲା କଣ କରୁଛି ସେ ଲୋକଟା ପଚାରୁ
My lord,
କଣ କରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ 18ଟା ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ରଖିଲେ ସେଟା ପଚାରିବେ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଦେବି
my lord,
ହେଲା though it's not necessary still I want to know ହେଲା
my lord.
next
It will be taken up at
2 p.m. I will grant you बोल दो grant कर दिए but information चाहिए
Madam,
बस next
Item number 3.
3
Lordships. The petitioners for affected persons due to establishment of a network company limited, which production is for production of a biometric medicine.
sorry
It's,
biometric
medicine. That is the
biometric medicine code
medicine. Said biomedicine.
biomedicine
Biomedicine for purpose of agriculture creating. But here they have challenged the inaction authority for that is action authority for that is granting NOC in favor of the this company for establishment of that company in the village, which
gochar land
gochar land over affected
gochar
person.
land ଆମ
Gochar land. They have also not only gochar land. They have also.
sir I am not granting any land
No, sir, no land. Sir. No land. I am not saying, but I am challenging. Yes, I am challenging the establishment of this company itself because it's affecting.
who are you
blood where the villages affected persons also.
କେମିତି ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେ
So ଆମ agriculture ତାର ଯୋଉ medicine water ଟା flow ହଉଛି that is spurious water ଆସିକି ସେଥିରେ ଗାଈ ଗୋରୁ ମରି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଫସଲ ବି ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଉଛି. That is the one of the
କୋଉ ଗାଁରେ
that is
ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର
Baleshwar.
ବାହାନଗା ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ହେଇଥିଲା
Yes. But the entire village, there is agitation also in the entire villagers. Now they have stopped that company also, but now this is Forceful going to establish run the company blood.
so your grievance is what
Yes, my grievance is that to stop that company, not allowed to run there, not to allow. They have also not only that the company also forcibly.
अरे सर कौन grievance कौन तू
My grievance to stop that company not to run over that.
one had a grievance had आपनका seeking relief seeking had
Yes,
you are seeking the relief of not to run. What is your grievance I am asking?
Yes, but the crossing of the NOC blood. They have no
Passing of NOC, why why
to
answer that
yes to run he had to got that certificate to run the company over that
sir
property.
why are you not
Yes, Lord.
specifying things? Why are you affected? I'm asking, why are you affected? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes,
Answer my question.
we are affected because of the production of the medicine from this company. That
Why
is my-
production of medicine? How is it going to be affected?
we have my agriculture field is affecting that all the.
So tell me that, na?
Yes, that I am.
By what? How the agriculture field is affected? That you are not saying. You are
Yes,
saying production
because
of the
the flow
company.
because the flow of the water from that company.
Why?
that
Company water flow ହେଇଗଲା ଖରାପ
sir, sir, ତାର spurious
କଣ ଅଛି ତା ଭିତରେ
spurious medicine जो
spurious କଣ ଅଛି
ତାର spurious
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ରିପୋର୍ଟ କିଛି ଅଛି
yes Lakshmi my
Court report.
yes Lakshmi my
paper cutting
yes
paper cutting
blood no my
paper cutting ଦେଖିବିନି
blood the some so anisha
paper cutting
base pen
ନିଜେ
sir
ଜଗିଛନ୍ତି ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ
more representation before the collector as well as the
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଏଫେକ୍ଟେଡ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବାହାରୁଛି ଯୋଉ ପାଣିଟା ଏଟା ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ହାଜାର୍ଡିୟସ୍ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ
yes on my reprint they are not taking any steps blood that is
ଭାଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁନି
sir
I am asking how do you know that particular water that is
Yes,
the effluent water
yes an animal
that is coming from that
yes
factory
yes
is damaging the human being?
yes but
How?
but there is a
Was there any test made by any
yes
authority?
that is the only reason that
तो ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ବୋର୍ଡ କୁ କାଇଁ ଆଗ କଲେନି
sir party କରିଛି ତ sir
ପାର୍ଟି କଲେ କଣ ହବ ଆପଣ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
yes blood that is to sub collector दिया है sir
ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର
yes
କଥା
दिया
କହିଲେ
है sir
ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ବୋର୍ଡ କୁ ଦେବେ ନା ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର କୁ ଦେବେ
तारे हमर सर
ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ବୋର୍ଡ କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
नहीं सर पॉलिस को दाउ दैट इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट सर इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट है सर ओटे इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट कर दी सर ओटे इंस्पेक्शन अनिश्चित फोर्ट सर देखो सर अनिश्चित फोर्ट ऑनर the proposed site of the unit was just inspected on 20
এটা কি করছি এটা কি করছি
sir question সেটা করছি তাଙ୍କର
এই রিপোর্ট বনে
yes engineer Anil Kumar Barik deputy environment engineer belong se question the and
এটা কে বনেছি who has prepared this report
that's a engineer sir লেখা আছে Anil Kumar Barik
अरे सर इंजीनियर अनिल कुमार बारिश
Yes,
लोकटा कोउ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंजीनियर से लोकटा कोठी करो
deputy environment engineer sir
कोठी करो इंजीनियर से पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल
pollution
कोड
control
लिखाई छी
sir page 17 page 17 yes last
कोड लिखाई छी
sir last sir तांका 10 कतरा सेटा yes
डेप्यूटी एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियर पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड
ये my lord of नहीं report of Mr. Nato revised नहीं sir sir तांकर साइड आउची inspection report of Mr.
ए इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट रे खराब कोठी लिखाई छी मत देखले
Blood?
आगे प्रिपेयर करी के आसो
नहीं
कंफ्यूज करो
नहीं नहीं sir confused नहीं this is report
when you are saying something alleging
Yes.
something you must come with a concrete thing
Yes.
what is the defect unless you show the defect simply in the
no sir some call sir I'm coming to that point
you are कहूची करी आपण घंटे
नहीं sir नहीं sir but my grievance yes
कोठी को रिपोर्ट रे कोठी लिखाई छी जे ए लोक एटा पोल्यूट करछि मत देखांतु
yes yes yeah annexure 4 blood that is the what is the that is the
I am there in annexure 4
yes
which part of the
yes
annexure 4
may I read that blood what is the
सिना पैसा चांदा मागले पळे आछन कोर्ट को
I'm coming line by line coming line by line.
Actually सीधा कोर्ट को पळे
नहीं नहीं, I'm coming line by line.
हाँ कमिंग
नहीं
कमिंग नहीं
नहीं नहीं सर सर देखो सर इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट टा कहू
न देखे पाले कॉस्ट करिए
हाँ यस इंस्पेक्शन
लाख
रिपोर्ट
कॉस्ट तमर कान दबो आसिक
सर इंस्पेक्शन
हाँ
रिपोर्ट दे
हाँ बेसी
इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट सर देखो सर
ओडी के जो फैक्ट्री प्लांट हेले सीधा पहुंची होछन चांदा मागिया पे
नहीं सर इट्स
हाँ किछि टाउटर लॉयर भी सेतरे इन्वॉल्व है
है ना
सेमन लोक मन करा
अफेक्ट हेले बोली तो बात न करी बंद कर
प्रोडक्शन हेला नहीं कंपनी मिस्टर
सर सब इंस्ट्रक्शन ये सर जाना पड़े सर गवर्नमेंट सर गवर्नमेंट आई विल गिव यू कॉपी लेट देम टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन
आपण जेदा कोर्ट को आछंती सर गोटे दया करी गोटे जिंस करिवे
सर
जदि एफेक्टेड होतबे एफेक्टेड किछि प्रूफ देबे नले को मेडिकल की को डॉक्टर पाखरे को टेस्ट करिवे से पानी टाको कि कौन से लैब रे टेस्ट करिवे
हाँ
कि नहीं ये पानी टा इन
Yes, sir.
एते परसेंट लीड रहउची एते परसेंट आर्सेनिक रहउची
they have not done that but they
ये
have
सब रहिबे
yes
सेटा को सही
exactly
नहीं एरा
I oblige that should be also this person they are not so
पर्सन आपण पे जानते तांको आपण केस फाइल करबा पूर्व एटा कहबा आपण नथिला
Sir,
आज्ञा
ମୁଁ-
एटा एटा करंतु एडवाइस
I have advanced ମୁଁ sir କରିଛି
बड़ गुण
नहीं नहीं सर
खाली
कहि सर ମୁଁ कहि
political
सर
file
तुम कौन अछि लैबोरेटरी टेस्ट को आनछे नहीं सर
आपण एडवाइस करथांते जे ना जा ए जिंस करै
Exactly.
चल आपण तो हेल्प करथांते
you're right sir right sir but there will
जल्दी फाइल कर दो जल्दी पाबंदी
yes sir I bet card collector 3 sir
हां
3 OP number 3
ओपन नंबर 3
Yes.
आपण एत्ते की कहला भितर एते गप माइले एते समय मोर टाइम वेस्ट कले गुटे जगह रे कोंतु जेउठी की ए रिपोर्ट रे कहि कि एठी पानी खराब अछि
नहीं से रिपोर्ट से कहि ना कहू ना सर that is their count that is their inquiry report own inquiry report जोटा
फोन इनक्वायरी कर के करछि कहलेनी
सर एरा करछ
इनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट बाय
सर लिखाई सर लिखाई सर पर सर एनवायरनमेंट इंजीनियर लिखाई सर डेप्यूटी इंजीनियर डेप्यूटी एनवायरनमेंट इंजीनियर सेटा की ताकर से एटा लिखाउ सर मेसस नाटॉफ बायोसाइंस
आपण गुटे अगस्त 1 करूछि नेक्स्ट टाइम जो कोन से केस आपण करिवे आपण एंती कर बुलांती बुलांती टाइम वेस्ट करंती मोर बहुत
नहीं नहीं
आपण गुटे छोटो नोट दे के आसीबे
एग्जैक्टली
टू दी पॉइंट कहबे एंती खाली एंती नहीं नहीं मु आसुची मु कमिची मु जाउची नहीं करछु घंटा घंटा लगो
नहीं से एती साथ जोड़ी जिंस
आई डोंट लाइक दिस दैट पॉइंट को आसीबे स्ट्रेट
सर एग्जैक्ट
लगो मते सेटिस्फाई करंतु गुटे मिनिट रे आपण एते समय दरकार नहीं 1 मिनिट सफिशिएंट टू इशू नोटिस और डू समथिंग आ एते गप काय को सुनुछन मोर सीधा आ मु डायरेक्ट पॉइंट को धरे आ एंती याड साड पेरी पेरी गुले हबनी सीधा तो कहबे नहीं वाटर कंटामिनेटेड सो द रिपोर्ट दिस इज द रिपोर्ट खत्म मैटर एंड्स आई विल इशू नोटिस
नहीं सर लक्ष्य में आई विल गिव दैट
देखो द पिटिशनर हैज preferred the present writ petition seeking passing of the no objection certificate issued in favor of the opposite party one company for establishment of a bioscience company over Gochar land of village Bhagatpur under Bahanga Tehsil district Balesar, having its head office at Padhuan Pada Balesar town for production of biomedicine for the purpose of agriculture, creating unhealthy situation in the area due to filthy smell emitting from the said plant. He further submits that the residential areas are located within one in the vicinity of the said plant, which is also affecting the people surrounding the area. The agricultural field is also getting affected due to such contaminated water. Hence, the petitioner, counsel for the petitioner submit that it is violating the by the section 25 of Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 and 21 of Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 and the rules framed thereunder. He further submits that the villagers have already Given a representation before the collector.
Yes, collector.
OP number?
Opinion 3, my lord.
OP number 3. Ventilating their grievance against the state polluting units. However, there has not been any response from the opposite party number 3, nor from the sub-collector Balesar. No inquiry has been conducted so far. Hence, apprehending a massive human tragedy, the petitioner has approached this court considering all these facts into consideration. Land Council the state to take instruction in the matter. Issue not. I issue notice for that. Pollution control party one is
Yes, sir. I made but
issue notice to 1, 2. Principal Secretary co department आया है Principal Secretary to government माने कौन
Yes.
है कितने Principal Secretary अचंदी ता co department कोई भी नहीं खुद लेखुचंदी तो कम से कम टिके देख चेक करन तो कौन लेखुचंदी Principal Secretary to government माने की है co department लेखी भी Revenue Divisional Commissioner Central Division Kotak Collector 1, 2, 3, 4 सुधरान तो co department है
again.
co department
What is
co department
opinion 1, blood?
हाँ Principal Secretary to government माने कौन
Revenue department.
revenue अगर से
Revenue,
आपण
yes.
एलिगेशन अछि
Forest, environment, climate. change.
First.
आपण रेवेन्यू अगर से तो किछि नहीं पार्टी करछन पार्टी भी ढंग रे करना ऐड करो तो सब डिपार्टमेंट ना लेखन
First.
the petitioner is directed to amend the first title with respect to OP number 1. Accordingly, issue notice to OP number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Land Council for the state, Mr. Mond waves of notice on behalf of 1 to 6. No, 1 to 6, 7.
Forest,
1, 2, 3,
climate. change.
1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. है
Yes.
How 4, 5 को दे दो pollution control board रखे अच्छी दे दे
Serpents.
हाँ
4 and 5.
4 and 5 को pollution control board रखे अच्छी दी दे दो ना दी
Oh, I'll serve copy. Yes, Mr.
Mr.
Mr. I'll serve.
Mr. Mohanty.
Huh?
Mr. Santil Prakash Mohanty.
No, Mr. I'll serve the copy. Mr.
Mr. Sushant Kumar Mishra of the copy on Mr. Sushant Kumar Mishra who usually appears on behalf of 4 and 5. 7 by registered post. Next.
Item number 4.
Adjourn.
Please pass over.
20th.
Pass over, my lord.
ଭଲ କରି ନ କଲେ ମୁଁ ପାସ ଦଉନି କଣ କୁହାଯିବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
My lord, please make it pass over item.
Hmm?
Item 4, please pass over it.
ଭଲ କି ହେଲାନି ଦ୍ୱିବେଦୀ ଟିକେ ବତେଇ ଦେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଣ କହିବ ସେ ask him what to be told ବତେଇ ଦେ ତାକୁ କଣ କହିବ ସେ
Item number 4, kindly pass over.
ହେଲାନି this is not the way to ask for pass ଭଲ କି ନ କହିବା ତ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି
My lord, I pray that matter kindly may pass over.
ହେଲା ପାଖାପାଖି ଟିକେ ରହିଲା ଫେରି ଓକେ ଯା ଭଲ କି ତମ ସିନିୟର ମାନେ ଶିଖଉନାହାନ୍ତି କି କେମିତି ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ମାଗିବ ବୋଲି ବତଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନହେଲେ ଲୋକ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ ଭଲ କି ଅଧା ଲୋକ ତ ଭଲ କି ମାଗୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ଶିଖିବ ହେଲେ ତମେ ଭେରି ଅନଫର୍ଚୁନେଟ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦେମ୍ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଆସ୍କିଂ ଟୁ ପ୍ରପର ୱେ ହଉ ପାସ୍ ହବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 5.
5
May I please, your lordship. Your lordship, the petitioners are legal heir of Surendra Kumar Rai, your lordship. They are claiming compensation on ground of COVID-19 warrior family assistance for government employee, your lordship.
how you claim to be a warrior
My lord.
କେମିତି ଆପଣ warrior ହେଲେ
Yes, your lordship.
yes ତ କହିଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ warrior କେମିତି ହେଲେ ଆପଣ କଣ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ
The petitioner were working as assistant teacher, your lordship.
assistant teacher कोडी warrior ହେଲା mo.
My lord, he was engaged.
medical वाला police वाला warrior बाकी सब non warrior. हाँ
My lord, he
ଆପଣ warrior ନୁହନ୍ତି କେମିତି warrior ହେଲେ police assistant teacher को school ଯାଉନଥିଲେ warrior କୋଉଠି ହେଲେ?
My lord, he was engaged as the manager in the TMC Medical Center by Annexure 7, your lordship.
engage
My lord, Annexure 7 is the engagement order, your lordship.
then you might be
My lord.
annexure 7
My lord, he was engaged as manager in temporary medical center Beltugri, your lordship.
पढ़ा नहीं
My
following teachers at police includes are directed to act as TMC so for smooth management proper monitoring of temporary medical center. The teachers who appointed as manager will see that food is provided to the
migrant person सब जो आसुथिले सेमानकु स्कूल रे रखा होतला and the present petitioner was engaged at their, your lordship.
Yes, sir. You take notice. I'll consider this T to take notice and inform the court as to whether the present petitioner is a COVID warrior or not. Lord Constable, the petitioner further submits that since the petitioner was deputed to the
Appointed at manager of temporary
to
medical
act
center,
as a temporary manager in the
temporary medical center Beltugri,
temporary medical center,
Beltugri district Nuapada,
Bell Tukri.
Beltugri.
अधा देखा जाओनी भल के टिके मैनेजर फॉर स्मूथ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ प्रॉपर मेंटेनिंग ऑफ टेम्पररी मेडिकल सेंटर एट
Beltugri.
बेल टुकरी मेडिकल सेंटर hence and he died because of COVID.
Yes, lordship.
Hence his case may be considered under the COVID assistance scheme. What is that? COVID? Who scheme?
COVID-19 warrior family assistance. for government.
COVID-19 warrior family assistance scheme. Okay, you take instruction. List the matter on 16th. Next,
Item number 6.
6.
Your Lordship, item 6, this present date petition has become infructuous.
Infectious. What is your name?
Ashutosh Modi.
Hmm?
Ashutosh Modi. Ashutosh Modi.
Modi.
Yes.
Modi. Okay. Ashutosh Land Constable Mr. Ashutosh Modi. 6. ଆପଣ ଆଉ କିଛି କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି 6 1 submit that the case that become infructuous. Next.
Item number 7.
In this case, I am for the petitioner. Last time I saw copy to Union of India.
Lordship, I have not received the instruction. So in this regard, I want to.
What is the issue?
Issue regarding
Person.
on-mail level question like this.
You are the petitioner?
Yes.
मैं लेवल क्वेश्चन कोर्ट दिया
Most judgment they will.
कोर्ट दिया तू जजमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट
I'm a High Court division major.
मो हाई कोर्ट केते दयार देछि त आथम मो हडा त मानि भी
No, division major.
हां को पैराग्राफ
All 3 cases are on level, on mail level.
सर ऑन इटे लिखले जे कोन ओडे स्वर्णलता बेउरा it is the obligation of the railway company administration to ensure that whatever train passes over through through fare adequate warning should be given to the public of the passing of the train the time they pass so that ଆଉ ଯଦି ଏ ଯୋଉ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଷେତରେ ଯାଉଥିବ ଏଣ୍ଟର କ୍ଷେତ ଜାଗା ବାଡା ଦବ ରେଲୱେ
ସେମିତି ବି ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଷେତ ଦେଇକି ଯାଉଥିବ ସେଆଡେ ଆପଣ କ୍ଷେତ ଥିବ ଏପଟେ କ୍ଷେତ ଥିବ ଏପଟେ ଆପଣ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ନୁହେଁ ରେଲ ଟ୍ରେନ ଆସିଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ସେ ଦୁଇ ପଟୁ ଏପଟେ ଦେଖିବେନି ଏପଟେ ଦେଖିବେନି ଏମିତି କ୍ରସ୍ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଗଳିଯିବେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଗଳିଯିବେ ଆପଣ ପାଗଳା ହେଇଥିବେ ନହେଲେ ମରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିବେ ଦିଟା ଭିତରେ କୋଉଟେ କୋଉଟେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ତ କିଛି ମିଳିବନି
ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ରିଟର୍ନ ସବମିଶନ ଦେଇ ଦେବି।
See, railway, it is not physically possible on part of the railway to put रेलवे इवन अमेरिका रे भी रेलवे ये
Especially
बार लागिनी मु देखि
Hon'Ble level crossing के जो आगु तो नहीं वर्तमान आउ नहीं वर्तमान
सुनंदु
कटक रे गेट
सुनंदु लेवल क्रॉसिंग गुड़ा ये सुन जते आगुरु जते इवन एबे भी बहुत जगह रे अछि जोडी
नहीं
आपण
नहीं
देखबे
पूरा से उठे दे सब
माने
हाँ।
लोक क्रॉस गुड बहुत मार्केट मु देखि भोटे सेठी मार्केट बसथिबे सेठी रेल यूपी रे देखिबे गुडाए जगह रे मार्केट बसते दोनों दुई साइड रे रेल जाउथबो सेठी कि लोक कोडी खसिबो एडा एथवा मर जिवो तार रेल वाला कंपनी काई देबो कंपनी तांकर रूल नहीं रेलवे तांकर रेलवे रो ये नहीं रूल
Yes.
so how can how could
Interpreting
it pass
section
rule
11, 18 and 16 of the Railway Act, this Honorable Court has
कौन से सेक्शन कौन कहला लेट्स एग्जामिन द सेक्शन इंक्वायरी हेतिला एक केस इंक्वायरी हेतिला
UD cases. UD cases.
इंक्वायरी हेतिला कि ये यूडी केस छाड़ा एडा इंक्वायरी न
They can say railway.
इंक्वायरी हेतिला
Railway can say.
एंड हवनी एटा इट्स नॉट अ जजमेंट टू बी फॉलोड आई एम नॉट
Power of
बाउंड टू
railway administration to execute all necessary works. Section 11.
सिंपैथी दे दी है जी सर कौन दिया They also written note of submission. You also give that. এটা ଗୋଟେ ରେଲୱେ 124 ସେକ୍ସନ ରେ କହିଛି नो फॉल्ट लायबिलिटी ये ट्रेन रे जने ट्रैवल करथुबो से जगह रे नो फॉल्ट लायबिलिटी सेटा दिबो आ जने जगह क्रॉस को ट्रेन आगु आसे से देखिबनी
सेटा रेलवे स्टेशन रे हबो कि रेल रे जर्नी करथुबो
आपण कोठी हां सेटा से दुईटा भीतर आपण कोठी नुहे
एटा ऑनमेन लेवल क्वेश्चन का
ऑनमेन रे कहछि कि मैन रे कहछि कि दिखि
सेटा लेट देम आउट इन इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दैट पॉइंट
I will take instruction.
एटी जेते जजमेंट रेफर करा हेछि सबु आदर स्टेशन रो नाले टिकट कैरियर रेफर करी ऑर्डर पास कराई एटा थोड़ी एटा सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाई नहीं मारे रेलवे वाले तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट काई गलनी
पेमेंट क्वेश्चन
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाते 2 मिनिट रे उड़ी जिथंदा 2 मिनिट संगे संग डिसमिस हेतंदा फालतू ऑर्डर ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ରେ କୋଉଠି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ନାହିଁ ରୁଲ୍ ରେ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ନାହିଁ ସିଧା ଶୋ ମି why I should not give grant relief
I will take time, my lord, in this regard.
ଏମିତି ରିଲିଫ
can't
ଦେବି
say any
ଏଇ ରିଲିଫ ଧରିକି ଆପଣ
Supreme
ସୁପ୍ରିମ
Court
କୋର୍ଟ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
can't say.
ସେଠି ଅର୍ଡର କଥା ଯାଉ କିନ୍ତୁ ଲ ଟା ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ ହଉ ଲ ଟା ଲେଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ହେଲା ଭୁଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଲ ଲେଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଭୁଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେବି ଫଲୋଇଂ ଦିସ୍ ହେଲା ଓକେ ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ମୁଭ୍ ଟୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦେବି ଅର୍ଡର
My lord,
ମୋ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଆପଣ ଯିବେ
I only found any decision of the Supreme Court, man, in this regard, my lord. Yes, my lord.
ହଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ 17 ଲଗ 15 ଲଗ ପାଇବେନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ଖୋଜି ସାରିଛି
ऑलरेडी पेमेंट क्वेश्चन बहुत गुडा केस रे क्वेश्चन पेमेंट सिमिलर
ଏଟା କରିଦେବି ମାନେ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଏଟା ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ନ ଗଲେ କଣ ହବ ଏଟା ହିଁ ଲ ନା ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଲ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଡିଭିଜନ ବେଞ୍ଚ ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ ମାନିବି ବାଧ୍ୟ ମାନିବି ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ ମାନିବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ମାନିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ନ ମାନିଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ମାନିବି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଯିବେ ବୋଲି ହେଲା ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ୟୁ ଗେଟ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଫ୍ରମ ଦେୟାର ସୋ ଯେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବେନିଫିଟ ହେବ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଏମିତି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ବେନିଫିଟ ପାଇବେ କାହିଁକି କୋଉ ଜଜ କହୁଥିବ ନାହିଁ କିଏ କହୁଥିବ ଦେବି କୋଉ ଜଜ କହୁଥିବ ଦେବିନି ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ଗୋଟେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ହେଲା ନା ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ସେଠି ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ଗଲା ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେବେନି ଖତମ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏଣ୍ଡ ଆପଣ ତ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଗଲେନି ପ୍ରଧାନ କୋଉ ପ୍ରେସରରେ ଗଲେନି ଗଡ ନୋଜ ଯିବା କଥା ନା ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଗଲେନି ସେ କହିଥିବ ନହେଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଲୟର ବନ୍ଧୁ କହିଥିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଆ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ କଣ ଆଉ କାହିଁ ଗଲେନି ତ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ
Just first time I have
ହଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଏତେ କେସ୍ ଏଇଟା କମେ ଗଲେନି ପଚାରୁଛି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 8.
8 8
Item 8.
କୁଆଡେ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି 16 matter मा कौन पढ़े के बैठे
If the criminal appeal was dismissed for default, against that he has approached this honorable in this civil. ହେବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ଏଇଟା।
Okay, list the matter on 8 asu non-appears laga. Next
Item number 11.
11
May I please, your lords?
magma fincom.
My lord, the petitioner is the practitioner of this honorable court, my lord. He was the retainer of the magma finance, my lord. Your lordship kindly come to annexure 4, my lord.
कौन पे आसंदे कोन मते तापर annexure दिया
My lord, he has given a bill of rupees 6,57,275. And in the annexure 4, my lord, magma.
आपन पेंडिंग गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट केते अछि
नहीं नहीं सेटे नहीं
हां मु तांगु पचर
मैं आवन
आपन का पेंडिंग केते अछि गवर्नमेंट अगेंस्ट आपन बिटु करंतु
here my lord, they are saying that my lord, they will give 4,49,000.
केते तांगा पेंडिंग अछि
से मागमा वाला कहउछन्ती हमें 4,49,000 दबु ये कहउछि 6,00,000
तार बिल केते दीछि बिल
आज्ञा?
केते दीछंती
किछि देना से कहउछ हम तुम ऑफिस को गलु तुम सेटा नेलनी तन करे हम तुमको आउ दबु
बिल ये केते दीछंती
6,57,275 for the period December 2014 to January 2016.
एटा रिटर्नर फी
That
पर
is
मंथ
the-
रिटर्नर फी केते मिले
No, that was not the retainer fee. My lord,
Then?
per brief they were giving because he was appointed my lord, during that time. My lord, Magma's
और बिल केते दियंती
per brief ने consumer जैसे मैंने दौथले notice करिया पे सब दौथले से समय Magma ଗୋଟେ office
केते
करथले.
दउथला कहबे ना मते
Again,
लिस्ट केते अपन 6 लाख केते होची देखाउंतु मते फर्स्ट
my lord, lordship for a moment, my lord, kindly come to annex 4, my lord. All पैसे. Page 60.
हला मो
That is the letter of Magma.
मोर
my lord. See सेति के बारे now I am praying.
मोर 17 लाख टका बाहर पड़ी मोर केस टे कला हंदा मु कहि करि परिबिनी 17 लाख पेंडिंग
सर आपण भाई हमें जदी कर परिबो आज्ञा माने इट विल प्रिविलेज
परिबन ना प्रॉब्लम
सर आपण हम कहउना दे लॉयर प्रदीप चौधरी मिले my lord, I am reading the my lord, two para, my lord. The amendments in the unnumbered para are false and hence vehemently denied. Well, they are denying the bill of rupees 6,47,000.
magma को देबा इशू नोटिस टू magma पैसा देबा किछि करिबिनी
से खाली कहउछन्ती 4,50,000
कोइ कोइ मु दिले देबी चिंता कर
से 4,50,000 दे दियन व्हाट एवर
आसु ता मैनेजर को डाकी तो दिले देबी गला एते कथे पड़ केते दे पाई जंदी केते
ने किछि देन
दे नांदी मैनेजर को डाको
से
कोड मैनेजर से एठी कोठी एठी
भुवनेश्वर
इशू नोटिस टू मैनेजर को तापर करिया
मेरे ऑपोजिट पेट नंबर 2 को जाओ ऑपोजिट पेट नंबर
इशू नोटिस टू नंबर 2 बाय रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट returnable on 12 February. Let him come fast. ये मैनेजर को डाकी दे दो डोंट वरी दे दो लॉयर मानकर रखी दिन करि परिबनी ओके नेक्स्ट
Item 13.
13 13
Item 13.
Lordship, therefore, next week obtain the income of the petitioner also. That action, Lordship, that I am not able to 1 week more time.
Okay. This the matter 16 February. Next
Item 14.
14
May I please? My lord, the petitioner before your lordships, they challenge the judgment passed by the learned First Additional Session Judge Ganjam in setting aside the order of conviction passed by the learned SDGM Berhampur, my lord.
Who are you?
I am the husband, my lord.
You are the husband.
My lord, pardon, my lord. I am the wife.
So you wanted your husband to get convicted.
My lord, for the
जेल में
offense.
सड़े जाके.
for-
वही? That you want?
No, my lord, as
फिर? No, I think the comment.
jail mein
You want your husband to be inside custody.
to be punished for torturing me.
Ah.
My lord, evidence of PW5 clearly reveals that there is a torture to the present petitioner. PW,
Conviction for what?
pardon?
कोथि पे conviction है?
498.
498.
But
कितने conviction है? कितने time?
my lord,
Period of
conviction, my lord,
sentence कितने? From what
Which-
man? I will send you to jail, right?
no, my lord, I am not saying so.
Yeah. Sir, why?
Being tortured both physically and mentally.
By registered post. Returnable on 22nd February. Allah. Next.
Problem.
Item 16. Item 16.
My lord, in this matter, one more time is required to file the details transaction of the bank. That will, my lord had given a direction earlier, my lord. And bank, the petitioner also filed a complaint before the Istanbul police station. They have also not.
Oh, it is Istanbul. Okay,
Istanbul.
okay.
That is the issue,
We
my
will
lord.
take instruction. We will learn for the petitioner. Sorry, bank.
My lord.
It's 1 week more time to get the transaction details of the presentation. That's
They
all
also-
for it's one. I think it's going to happen. Gaya.
We tried to contact that police also. We didn't get any.
Istanbul वाला तुमको respond करिए. Indian embassy को करो ना respond.
Exactly.
मैंने करी respond. Madam, we don't know anything about the transaction. They say in this fashion. In English.
Exactly.
I
that's
English
true.
in there. We don't have any idea about the transaction. Let's see.
Item 18.
18.
I'm 18. I am for the opposite party number 2 victim, my lord.
I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Milords, I am filing an additional affidavit, milords.
Pertaining to what?
Canvassing additional ground, milords. I have also prepared the consolidated petition, milords. The affidavit,
Additional ground?
milords, certain documents which,
What are the certain documents?
milords, the opposite party herein had filed an application under 125 CRPC, which was left out. The petitioner had supplied to us, and the opposite party had also filed an FIR in which the police had submitted final form as false, milords. These certain documents which go to the root of the matter, milords, were left out, and I have filed that as the additional affidavit. That
Given copy?
again.
My associate is that he can just receive it, my lord.
Learn concept for the petitioner has filed some additional documents. Let a copy of said document be filing it when you are sitting. I've stopped allowing any filing here. It's not
I'll abide by.
extension counter.
Again.
And copy be served, advance copy be served on the council for the.
Let's have served the
Opposite
copy.
party. Okay.
I'll file the consolidated petition in the registry. milords. There's an interim order.
So my only prayer would be, because it's a very sensitive matter, it involves 376. So let a short date be given. I mean, a date may be assigned, my lord.
I'm giving a date, of course, without saying.
Obliged.
I don't have any matter where date is not given.
Grateful.
Every matter gets a date. 20th February.
20th February.
Yes.
Can't it be a little earlier if possible?
ठीक है. 15.
Grateful, my lord.
Let it be 15.
Milords.
That's
There's an
obliged.
interim order to continue.
Interim order content. Next.
Item 19.
19.
May I present? To their letter dated 8/1/2024, milord, to enhance the offer amount, my lord. The present petitioner, my lord, earlier given an offer of 3 crores 40 lakhs, my lord, and deposited 34 lakhs as 10% upfront amount. Thereafter, my lord, on 8-1, my lord, they have stated that, my lord, you increase the offer amount substantially for consideration as per the bank's OTS, my lord. A discussion was made.
Are you accepting that?
No, my lord,
No, my
I'm submitting.
my lord.
Yes.
Uncle.
My lord,
Yes, yes, please.
my lord, the petitioner went to the bank, my lord, and my lord, they are stated that, my lord, if my lord, the petitioner will offer, my lord, 4 crores 10 lakhs, my lord, as the notional dues, then only they can accept.
What is the notional dues?
My lord, I cannot say, my lord. They are saying two things, my lord. One is the
Notional,
outstanding,
Mr. Sahu,
my lord,
notional
outstanding
dues
due,
ଟା କଣ?
other is the notional
ଆମ
dues.
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ କଣ notional due ଅଛି? ledger amount notional due ହୁଏ। ledger ତ actual amount ହବ।
Notional dues,
କେମିତି
as
ହବ?
per my understanding, my lord.
Interest will not be charged in the system. So
And
that
that
will
is,
not be-
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा NPL पर जो charge है ना notional।
my lord, that is book outstanding, my lord. Normally, after the
Can you
NPA, my
next
lord, that
notional
is
due?
notional, my lord.
Language
My lord, notional, my lord, what I understand, my lord. Where, my lord, the bank will,
No, book outstanding again you are saying that is wrong. Because book outstanding is that amount,
NPA amount.
that whatever amount that is till that time that is paid
Yes,
or outstanding.
here.
After that the notional ଟା ସେଟା reflect କରୁନି କିନ୍ତୁ
ନା
ତାଙ୍କର ଥାଏ।
Yes, my lord, they have calculated the notional amount. It is, my lord, 4 crores 10 lakhs, my lord. So the, my lord, again offer was made, the notional amount 4 crores 10 lakhs, my lord.
Now what is
And accordingly, my lord, the petitioner also deposited the differential 10% amount, my lord, 7 lakhs. Now, my lord, the 10% upfront amount, my lord, has already been deposited in the bank.
So you consider that OTS?
My lord, that will be considered. Yesterday, the letter has been given to the
Now,
petitioner.
yesterday,
That will be
considered.
well, that will be considered. My instruction is that will be considered because another loan is for the same self person who is the proprietor of another farm. There is also outstanding, and one property has been sold. And
no, that I am clarifying.
they have to give OTS for both the farms.
My lord, I am submitting, my lord.
And for that
Just,
reason,
just a minute, my lord. Now, my lord, it's a misleading statement, my lord.
No, I am not.
No, that is a misleading statement of the bank. My lord, I am not submitting that. My lord, I am for a moment.
My lord is not stated correctly.
Outstanding
Bank
is
never-
against the person, not against one or
Yes,
two.
My lord, I am
Entire.
my lord, I am submitting, my lord. Here, my lord, two properties are, my lord, in another loan, my lord. One Jhari Pradhan was there, my lord. They have auctioned the property of Jhari Pradhan. That is a separate dispute, my lord. That dispute is no connected to this, my lord. Bank is saying that, my lord, if you settle that account of your brother, and if you, my lord, convince Jhari Pradhan to withdraw the cases from the DIT and the from this honorable court, my lord, then we will consider this application. My lord, this case, my lord, that case is a completely two different case, my lord. In another case, my lord, where the brother of the
But it is a different loan.
different loan, my lord.
Same proprietor.
Not the same proprietor.
Farm is two farms are taken loan.
That is the brother of the
This is
petitioner.
partnership firm.
No, my lord.
Proprietorship.
With a proprietorship.
It is also proprietorship.
Proprietorship ରେ two person କି
Give me that
ହବ ନା?
ଦୁଇ person ନୁହେଁ ସେଇ same person ଦିଟା farm ଅଛି ତାର
ନାଇଁ
ଦିଟା farm ସାରା loan ନେଇଛି।
In one farm, the brother of the petitioner who died in COVID.
Rohan Priyanka Mahanti.
Rohan Pritam, Rohan Pinayak.
Pinayak Mahanti.
Two brothers, my lord.
They are different brother, different ତା against ଅଲଗା ନେବେ ଏ against କାଇଁ ଯାଉଛି?
No, that is the same
proprietor ନା, had it been a partnership
more
firm,
detail दे दोगे that apart from that in this case 13(2) has been issued, 13(4) has been issued, thereafter sale notice has been issued. On the date of sale notice this matter was listed. I have brought brought this the fact before your lordship, and today is the date of auction also. It is a securitization proceeding which processed by the bank. And
the 8/1/2024 letter, my lord, it is your letter, it is not my letter, my lord. When my lord, and 8/1, my lord,
listen to me. To cut the matter short.
Yes, sir.
What is the amount you want from him to settle the OTS? You just tell him one amount, that amount is they'll pay.
you have received 41 lakhs. You are
give the offer, we will send.
I have already.
Zonal office will
do one thing, you take your instruction on the offer.
Yes,
if it is acceptable, accept it.
My instructions is both the farms OTS should have been given, and it will be settled in both the farms.
As per whatever he says, I don't know. If it is a different company, different farms, sorry, not company.
Let them
different
file an
farm,
affidavit, my
and
lord.
both are sole trader. And in sole trader,
both
are different person. Then why are you
As
linking
per-
the unlinkable?
As per my instruction, today's instruction, they are the partnership, this firm, rich firm.
Your lordship kindly record my statement, my lord.
Rich engine.
My lord,
And-
your lordship kindly record my statement, my lord. I will also give in an affidavit, my lord. How, my lord, the things are different, my lord, how it is putting in one court, my lord. Two different, I am submitting two different farm, my
If my
lord.
learned friend wants an affidavit and I will submit
Yes,
an
yes, yes,
affidavit,
my lord. Your lordship kindly, my lord,
Tomorrow you both of you give the
Yes,
affidavit.
yes, my lord.
That these two loan account are.
My lord, I will give the details, my lord.
I
will give the details.
And this case is, my
My
lord,
lord.
totally a securitization matter and they are dragging it, your lordship.
Anyway, let's see.
Yes,
My lord, securitization matter, my lord, I know, my lord.
Even
You
if
are
it is
siphoning away from this court, my lord. They are saying that securitization matter. Since we can-
No, we are not
court will
siphoning.
put it. So why? My lord, when I have not challenged the securitization action, my lord, the submission before the court, my lord.
Both of you file it.
Kindly see my
Nothing-
lord. ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବି କାଲି।
ଖାଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା କେମିତି ପଳ ଆମକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା we are poor people, my lord, ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଇସା ଦଉଛୁ ଆମେ my lord when my lord they have
You file
accepted
that, no further argument. You file that these two are different people. That's all.
ଆମେ କରିବୁ
sir ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ପଇସା ଦରକାର ଆମେ ପଇସା ଦବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋର୍ସିପ ଆକ୍ସନ ଗୁରା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯେହେତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମ against a decision
Tomorrow
ଗୁରା
you file both of you file that
Yes, I am
this is
filing.
not the same person. There are two different loan by
I
two
am
different
giving the
persons.
detail. I am
I am
giving the
asking
detail.
one question. Two different person taken two different loans.
Yes, madam.
That you file an affidavit.
Yes, madam.
Simple.
Not
If it-
two
if it-
different persons. Same person.
my lord, you kindly remember
I'm
tomorrow
saying I don't
tomorrow,
know.
my lord, after
Two different or
Yes.
single that you have to.
I will give the sanction letter.
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କାଲି ମନ ପକେଇଦେବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ submission
Okay,
ମନେ
get it.
ଦରକାର।
Get the affidavit. We'll see.
I am very much clear.
My endeavor is to
Settle the matter.
settle the dispute.
Yes.
Go here for smilingly. Why are you unnecessarily just
ଜଣଙ୍କ ଘର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦି କୋଟିର ଘରକୁ ତାକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବିକିଦେବେ 50 ଲକ୍ଷରେ
କେତେ
ସବୁବେଳେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଫର୍ଟଟା ହଉଛି କଣ କହିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କେତେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ହାରାସ କରିପାରିବ କେତେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଘର ବିକି ଦେଇପାରିବ
ବହୁତ ଝୁଲ है सिस्टम खराब है नेक्स्ट
ଆମେ ଦେଲା ବେଳକୁ ମାସେ 2 ମାସ ଆଗରୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ କେମିତି ଆମ ହୋମ ଲୋନ ରେ ଖାଉ ପଇସା କଟି ଯାଉ
ମୋଟର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ଲେମ କେସ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଜଜ
सर फिक्स डिपॉजिट कहाँ पाके थिला बैंक पाके थिला ना
बैंक पाके
ସେଥିପାଇଁ बैंक वाले को डाकिଥିଲି I called because of that he is available बैंक ର ଦୁଇ ତିନିଟା କାଉନ୍ସିଲର ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାପାତ୍ର SBI ये यूनियन बैंक ଆଉ ଦୁଇ ତିନି ଜାଣିଛି ଡାକି ଦିଏ ମୁଁ ଥିଲେ ଆଉ यस बैंक ରେ ରଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା
ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଦି ଲିଭ୍ ଅଫ ଦି କୋର୍ଟ ଫିକ୍ସଡ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ୱିଲ୍ ନଟ୍ ବି ରିଲିଜ୍ଡ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପିଟିସନ ଦେଲି ଫର ରିଲିଜ ଅଫ ଦି fixed deposit on the ground that on medical grounds. I have annexed also the documents. Our house construction plan.
हाउस कंस्ट्रक्शन पे थोड़ी लोन दिया हुआ आपन पैसा ना ना विथड्रॉल आपन पैसा नुहे आपन पैसा बोले की कहला आपन को
मो पैसा
नो नो मु काई कहूची नो बोली तार कारण मु कहूची आपन टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन मीट न करबा जे आपन पैसा नुहे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन कोन जे एई पैसा 5 ईयर पे रहिबो एई पैसा 5 ईयर पूर्व विथड्रॉल हे परिबनी एई पैसा बैंक कोनसी अलगा पर्पस रे देई परिबो नाही देन आपण पैसा केन दिला कोर्ट रे आपण घर तयारी करी पैसा मागे देबो
मेडिकल ग्राउंड रे मागी चाहिए मेडिकल ग्राउंड रे से बची परिबो ने इट इज आल्सो डिसाइडेड बाय योर लॉर्डशिप डिसाइडेड बाय योर लॉर्डशिप आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज आल्सो डिसाइडेड बाय
कोन हेची आपण को
तो गायनेकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम
सर कोन प्रॉब्लम टा कहबे ना मत मेडिकल रिपोर्ट देखंतु खाली गायनेकोलॉजिकल बदले जीव कोन प्रॉब्लम टा देखंतु डॉक्टर रिपोर्ट
9 योर लॉर्डशिप में
डॉक्टर रिपोर्ट देखंतु
पेज 9 लॉर्डशिप
ट्रीटमेंट पेपर एटा कोन एपीओ माने कोन प्रोविजनल डायग्नोस्टिक मेडिसिन चारटा लिखि देला बस हे गेला एटा रिपोर्ट
न तबे
कोन हे जी सर एटा रिपोर्ट कोन पे लिखि छी
पेज 10 योर लॉर्डशिप में सी refers to SLNM CH Koraput for further treatment.
अरे ये तो किसी बेंदी मेजर किसी नहीं है रा
आगे गायनेकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम पेज 11
कोन हे जी त मु देखे सर देखंतु टिके कोन हे छी
स्कैनिंग रिपोर्ट भी अछि
स्कैनिंग रिपोर्ट कोन कहला खाली स्कैनिंग रिपोर्ट कह देले जो कोन हे जी देखंतु
डिक्लेयर अंडरगोइंग 6
मेजर किसी एकदम व्हिच इज इमिनेंट सर्जरी दरकार एकदम नहले न चले सेमतिया सिचुएशन किसी अच्छी कि सेटा देखिबे ना खाली जेंते नॉर्मल रूटीन गायनोकोलॉजिकल इशू तो
भांगी
70% वुमेन रो गायनोकोलॉजिकल इशू रूटीन वाला रहे सेटा कोन मेजर
गरीब लोक आज्ञा से पैसा पाइ न पाइ ता पैसा आज्ञा केमति कोन
ता पैसा नुहे सेटा
ना ट्रीटमेंट
आपण से बार बार ता पैसा को आपण सरकार दी ता पैसा कोड आपण ता पैसा हला आपण को मिली था कंपेंसेशन
घरटा आज्ञा देखुना
सर कंपेंसेशन रे तार कंडीशन आपण को मानिबे के बाध्य आ एंती आपण मन इच्छा जेतले इच्छा नै परिबिनी
ना मन इच्छा नो मोर आवश्यक
आपण घर तयारी पई कबे पैसा देबो
ना दीटा जिंस गोटे मेडिकल अछि आज्ञा
84000 रे घर तयारी करबे आपण को इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में दिया
मेडिकल ता मध्य गोटे मेडिकल तार गायनोकोलॉजिकल
कोन देखांतु मते देखो
केपा अछि ट्रीटमेंट पेपर 9 10 11 11 12 ट्रीटमेंट पेपर सब अच्छी
सिंगल लाइन इंट्रावेरस फिटस ऑल लिम्स मूवमेंट तो प्रेग्नेंट अछि प्रेग्नेंट रिपोर्ट इटा कोन ज्ञान के प्रॉब्लम बाहर को देखो छाड़ नॉर्मल कार्डियक एक्टिविटी एचआर फाइन फेशियल एंड स्पाइनल प्रोफाइल नॉर्मल प्लेसेंटा एंटीरियर नॉर्मल फ्लूइड नॉर्मल एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल
ना
सेटा को आपण प्रॉब्लम
देखुनांती
नॉर्मल जिंस
रेफर टू एसएलएनएम
सर रेफर टू एथि पे से छोट हॉस्पिटल को जाइथिबे से हॉस्पिटल पाखरे नथिबे रेफर कर देला कोनटा हे गेला हां बाहले
सीरियस अछि आज्ञा
किछि सीरियस है आपण जदी पढंतु रिपोर्ट कम टू 27 1 रिपोर्ट कोन लखाइ जी इट इज प्रेग्नेंट लेडी सिंगल लाइव इंट्रायूटेराइन फिटस ऑल लिम्स मूवमेंट सीन ड्यूरिंग द स्कैन सब छुआर मूवमेंट होची सब तो ठीक ठाक अछि असुविधा कोनटा हे गेला अननेसेसरी गायनोकोलॉजी ए देखंतु मु तो देखु जे आपण किछि नाही सितरे आपण को गायनोकोलॉजी लागि छथि कोन लगाइ देखा
रेफर हेछि
रेफर माने गोटे छोट हॉस्पिटल जिमे गोटे पीएससी गोटे त पाखरे किछि नथिबो रेफर करबोनी की ता पाखरे किछि नथिबो खाली एक्सेप्ट दि चारटा जो
आगे से अरबी मुद्दा आगे जो कंडीशन रे अछि देखंतु पारा 13 एटा अनहाइजेनिक कंडीशन रे
अरे अनहाइजेनिक कंडीशन पुनी कहले
नले से बचिबो केमति आगे
हां आपण अधिका मते आ देखांदुनी
ना देखुना
घर बचिबो केमति किछि तर किछि प्रॉब्लम हेनी किछि प्रॉब्लम हेनी सर
अच्छा
लेट मी टेल यू किछि प्रॉब्लम हेनी
अच्छा
अच्छी में जबरदस्ती कागज देखौनांदी
देखु अच्छा मोर कॉपी दउ तले
कॉपी देला आपण मते एटा बुझी पारुनांदी को डॉक्टर को धरि के आसन बुझेबे मते देखिबा को डॉक्टर बुझेबे जे को कौन सी डॉक्टर पृथ्वी आनिबे एथु जदी खराब किछि कहि जले मते कहबे आ जदी नहले कॉस्ट पकेबे आपण को जदी रिपोर्ट ठीक थे डॉक्टर जो कहबो किछि
सरकारी
आगे सरकारी डॉक्टर से डॉक्टर नहीं की खाली प्राइवेट डॉक्टर ओ आवा की कथा डॉक्टर से अधा इंडिया रे अधा लोक सरकारी डॉक्टर को पाको जाउछन गरीब लोक जानतो खाली एपोलो रे डॉक्टर सब चोर सिटी बसती लुटिबे खाली बसी लुटिबे
ट्रीटमेंट किछ
बेकार कथा कोन
केमतो ट्रीटमेंट करबो
ट्रीटमेंट किछि हेनी आपण ट्रीटमेंट कोन दरकार किछि हेनी पैसा मिलला माने केंति पैसा नेकरी खर्च कर देबे फटफट आपण का फ्यूचर में से देइछि पैसा किछि सिंसियर नहीं हां
ट्रीटमेंट में दरकार
किछि नहीं कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर को गले कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर फैसिलिटी नहीं आपन को बड़ हॉस्पिटल रेफर कर देला एति तो बड़ हॉस्पिटल वाला कहला ए आर सब ठीक अछि ए गोटे छुआ जन्म करिवो सब एवरीथिंग इज फाइन यू विल वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जेल इन द कंट्री वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जेल केबे भी मौका मिले कोरापुट जेल विजिट करियो हां ए सर तांगर 70 लाख इनकम इजिकल कोरापुट तांगर जेल एक्टिविटी जो बेस्ट जेल बराबर एगो कोरापुट एगो जेल आ सही जेल रे अबे 22
Item 22 lots the matter is infructus.
Infructus. Okay, infructus. What is your name?
Kamalakanta City. Kamalakanta City.
Kamalakanta
City.
Kamalakanta City. Okay. Next.
Item 23.
23.
I have filed an interim application number 1629 of 2020.
कौन है जी तारा?
My lord, kindly have a glance to the medical.
अरे सर कौन है जी कौन तू?
My lord, ता स्त्री रो ovarian
incorrigible. तबे सुधरी बेनी सान. कोड कौन कोड लिखा है जी?
My lord, lower parent abdomen hyperbleeding. My lord, it is in the MKCG hospital.
कोड. एटा के पढ़ी परिबेनी ता अंडर.
सेटा MKCG रो my lord. रेफर हेतिला रायगडा रो सेठी आछि.
कोड लिखा है.
My lord, lower top रे लिखा है lower in abdomen, pain in abdomen my lord. सब top रे लिखा है. तापर लिखा है over.
Pain in abdomen.
My lord, ovarian cyst सेठी लिखा है my lord. I'm not praying for much days, मतलब I'm praying for only 7 days. सी जाइए तांको बापा घरे छाड़ी के तो जहाँ रखण वेखण करिके आसो केही मेल मेंबर नाहांती माय लॉर्ड
जेल पसले मेल मेंबर सब गाय बेगा आवे जाना
मतलब बापा मां
बाकी बाकी मेल मेंबर सब थांती जेल
आज
पसला माने मेल मेंबर
आज
नाहांती
it's a female disease, my lord. She is feeling shy to, my lord.
फीमेल डिजीज कोन एटा कॉमन विथ फीमेल फीमेल डिजीज
कही परिने पूरा गां कालिया लोक
आई फील शाई टू गांव वाला सबटु कम शाय आ शहर वाला शाय बेसी काई जी किछि नाही ते सेंदी
my lord अच्छी सेठी ता पूर्व रायगढ़ हॉस्पिटल रो भी अच्छे एमकेसी रो भी अच्छे my lord. से एफिडेविट तांकर पेरोकार जो करछन कजिन ब्रदर हैज मेड इट
खाली त एटा लिखिछि से मेडिसिन गुडा लिखिछि आ कोन लिखिछि 30 टा
टेस्ट भी
मेडिसिन
लिखि
लिखिछि
जंदी
जेते मेडिसिन दरकार नै ताडो अधिक मेडिसिन लिखिछि
my lord severe bleeding is completing my lord.
नो नो
Lord inquiry आसु my lord जदी बाहर
302 सर अपन 302 रो
my lord for that my lord I am praying my lord only for 7 days my lord inquiry आसु inquiry जहां जणा पड़े हजो तापर सेट
लॉर्ड काउंसिल फॉर द state to take instruction from the local police station
again
if there is any medical emergency if there is an existence of a medical emergency with respect to the petitioner's wife is there or not. This is the matter on 12.
My lord in interim application number 1629
In interim 16.
1629 of 2023 obliged my lord.
Next.
Copy it.
Item 24.
24.
Please, my lord. My lord, here the petitioner is languishing in jail custody since 28/7/2020, whereas the FIR was total unknown. No one has seen the incident, and my lord, on the principle of parity, two of the accused persons has already been granted by bail by my lord. One is 2782 of 21, another is 6631 of 20. My lord, this entire allegation was against one that Jyotirmoy Dole and one Satyapriya Pradhan. Both of them are already been granted bail.
You have got information?
Here I got case diary. Here petitioner is the principal accused.
What was he doing?
Here the petitioner, Lingaraj Bhagat, he called the deceased from his house and they killed.
What was his role? He called.
Say he said,
Only called, only called.
I am placing one statement.
Yeah, please.
Shankar Pradhan. ଲୋକନାଥ ଜୀବିତ ଥିଲାବେଳେ ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଏବଂ ଗୋଛାଗୋରା ଗ୍ରାମର ସୁଶାନ୍ତ କୁମାର ବାରିକ ତାଙ୍କର ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲେ। ଗତ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ସମୟରେ ଲୋକନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସମିତି ସଭ୍ୟ ପଦବୀ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା କରିଥିଲେ। ଆମ ଗାଁର ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଲୋକନାଥକୁ ଆର୍ଥିକ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥିଲେ। ଆଗରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଟଙ୍କା ପଇସା ଦେଇଥାଏ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି। କିଛି ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଟଙ୍କା ପଇସା ଦେବାକୁ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର କରି ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଓ ଲୋକନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ହୋଇଥିଲେ। ଗତକାଲି 23/7/20 ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ପିଣ୍ଡାରେ ବସିଥିଲି। ସେହି ସମୟ ଲୋକନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରୁ ତାର ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ଧରି ବାହାରି ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଘର ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ଗଲା। ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରୁ ବାହାରି ଦୁହେଁ ଲୋକନାଥର ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ବସି ଲଣ୍ଡା ବାହାଲି ଗ୍ରାମକୁ ଗଲେ। ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀର ଡାହାଣ ପଟ ଅଣ୍ଟାରେ ପତଳା ହୋଇ ଲୁହା ହତିଆର ପରି ଦିଶୁଥିବା ଜିନିଷ ଟିଏ ଧଳା କପଡ଼ାରେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଇ କୁଚି ରଖି ଧରିଥିଲା। ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଆଗରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗାଁରେ ଲୁହାର ଖଣ୍ଡା ଧରି ବୁଲୁଥିବା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି। ଗତକାଲି ରାତି ପ୍ରାୟ 11ଟା ସମୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଲୋକନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଘରକୁ ନ ଫେରିବାରୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଲୋକ ସାହିରେ ପଚରାପଚରି କରୁଥିଲେ। ତାପରେ ତାର ମରିଛି। ତାର ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀର 27 ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି।
May I read out the charge sheet, sir?
ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବଗର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଇଲେକ୍ସନରେ ସେ ହାରିଗଲା। ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିବା ଟଙ୍କା ସମୁଦାୟ ପ୍ରାୟ 45,000 ଟଙ୍କା ମାଗିବାରୁ ଲୋକନାଥ ତାହା ଫେରାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମନା କଲା। ଏଇ କାରଣକୁ ଆମ ଦୁହିଁଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ବହୁତ ପାଟିଗର୍ତ୍ତନ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହୁଏ। ଲୋକନାଥ ମୋର ନେଇଥିବା ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ମନା କରି ମୁଁ ତାହାକୁ ଜୀବନରେ ମାରିଦେବା ପାଇଁ ସ୍ଥିର କଲି ଏବଂ ଏଇ କଥାକୁ ଆମ୍ବ ଗାଁର ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗ ପପୁନ ଦଳେଇ ଓ ପିଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଧାନ କହିଲି। ସେମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୋର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବେ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ। ଗତ ସକାଳ ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବ ଗାଁକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲି। ସେଠାରେ ପପୁନ ସାଇକେଲ ଦୋକାନରେ ମୁଁ ପପୁନ ପିଙ୍କୁ ମିଶି ଏକାଠି ବସି ଲୋକନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନକୁ ମାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଜନା କଲୁ। ମୁଁ ସେଦିନ ମୋର ଖଣ୍ଡା ଧରି ଆମ୍ବ ଗାଁ ଆସିଥିଲୁ। ସେଇ ଖଣ୍ଡାକୁ ପପୁନକୁ ଦାଢ଼ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଲି। ପପୁନ ତାହା ଦାଢ଼ କରିଦେଲା। तापर दिन 11 मु पपुन दलई पिंकू प्रधान पपुन मामू पुओ पिंकू एवं प्रकाश हेन्ना मिसी लंडा भाली नालर चेक डैम पाखरे गाधेयकु गलु सेठारे आउ थरे लोकनाथ प्रधान को मारिया पई योजना को सफल करिया उद्देश्य रे कथा हेलु मो लोकनाथ को मारी नाल रे फिंगिदा पई कहिबारु पत्थर जागारे फिंगिले तार मृत देह तळकु भसाई पारिब नाही बोली पपुन कहला एई परे आमे गाधोई सारी पपुन सह एही विषय फोन रे आउ कथा हेबो नाही बोली संशय पपुन दुकान रखिथिबा खंडा कपड़ा घोड़ाई पपुन मते देला ताहा मु बैग रे रखिली पपुन मते ता मोटरसाइकल
Excuse me, sir, why are you talking? He is reading something, I can't hear you. Yes.
आमे दुहे तापर पपुन मते आम घरे छाड़ी दे पलाइला सबु योजना मुताबिक संध्या 16:30 समय रे मु लोकनाथ प्रधान फोन करी पपुन पिंकू भोजी करिसंते आमे आमगा ताको डाकी के नेकी जाईछि नेकी रेलिवेंट प्रधान प्रेसिंग पूर्व योजना मुताबिक रात्रि प्राय 9टा बेले पपुन पिंकू धरी पपुन मोटरसाइकल रे एकदम पाकू पहुंचिले सेतेले लोकनाथ तार मोटरसाइकल ऊपर बसी यूट्यूब देखुथिला सेमाने आसे मु लोकनाथ को पछाड़ू धरली पपुन मो पाखु आसी मो अंटारे खंडा बाहर करी लोकनाथ को तंटी को हाणी देला लोकनाथ मो बाम पाख
पपुन गॉट द बेल
अंगुठी के जोरे कामुड़ी देला एवं खसी दौड़िया समय आम गोड़ाई गोड़ाई हाणिलु एवं से तले पड़िया परे तार बेकरे हाणी मारिदेलु लोकनाथ मो बाम हाथ गुड़ा अंगुठी रे कामुड़ी देवारु मोर गुड़ा अंगुठी खंडिया हुई तापरे मु
What do you say in charge sheet? You are saying something?
Charge sheet says Popun Dole brought out the sword from the west of the Lingaraj Bhagavati and Popun Dole dealt a sword blow on the neck of the deceased.
Popun has got bail.
Yes, Popun has got the bail.
at the instance of the petitioner all these things happen.
But Popun is the principal.
Yes, Popun is the principal accused. He got the bail.
Strike करछि से.
Petitioner called the deceased petitioner called
Calling is
yes.
fine, but strike के करछि से करछि strike. Strike वाला को bail दिया जाय धल्ला वाला को काहे छाड़ दिया बंदे. But this is also wrong. ताको देवा कथा न दे दे छन मु किछ कर परिन कार केंदी माइंड रे आसलो मु कोन बट मो माइंड रे मोर देई नथन
ये देखिए
मोदी जी
आपण देखिए
मोदी जी
आ गया
कोड देखिए मोर ऑर्डर
आ गया
अंदर पीरियड ताला दिया छी अब पीरियड 4 वर्ष हैला नहीं अब
आ गया
कोडी
सर ऑर्डर
जाओ
cold blooded murder
4-5 वर्ष रहला ना केते दिन रखिबे
let's see one report received from trial court flag killer कोन देखिए जोतियो
कोन देखि चालू
13 जन एग्जामिन एजेंट 32 रो
बट एथरे दिया छी केही देखि नांती से गप्पर बिलीव करिनी कोड दिया छी
but ये last in theory
लास्ट दिन थ्योरी केडो से केही देखि नांती लास्ट दिन थ्योरी बेका संगे जाउतले खंडाटे धरिदिला माइला कि न माइला के देखि छी सेटा देखिबे ना आउ सेतिमे देई छी there is no prima facie evidence available to implicate him in the alleged offense. This entire case is born out of some previous disputes. Even none has seen the petitioner inflicting any blow on the deceased. Meanwhile, charge sheet has already been filed. Blah blah blah. दे दिया समान order. जा. State condition. Next.
Item 25. May I please, your lords? My lord, I have been arraigned as an accused. Please, your lords. My lord, I have been arraigned as an accused basing on the confessional statement of the co-accused Ajay Mahapatra, from whose possession my lord contraband.
केबे टू अछंती फास्ट कोन
27/6/2023 my lord.
एबे
My lord has granted bail from whose possession my lord has contraband brown sugar was recovered my lord. He has been
बिल्कुल देबी
chance
नहीं
more than 1 kilo
possession seizure in my lord.
They are
only confessional statement.
maybe
ସେମାନେ ମିଛରେ ମୋ ନାଁଟା କହିଲେ my lord I have no criminal antecedent nothing my lord. So lords me kindly visualize the
dismiss करछि परा एना dismiss हबा
नहीं सेटा allow करछन ना
कोडा
सेटा बेल दैछन अजय महापात्र को
किए
अजय महापात्र जा possession seizure हैला
The investigation.
ଏକଡେ ଯେ
ନାଇଁ ସରି ମୁଁ
dismiss ପରେ ଏଟା ଦେଖୁଛି ବେଲ କୋଠି ଦେଇଛି ମୋ ବେକାର କଥା କହୁଛି ମୋ ଆଖି ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ଭାଇ
ହଁ
My lord.
ମତେ ଭୋଗୁଆ ବନେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କ୍ଲିୟର ଡିସମିସ୍ ଆଉ ବେଲ
Sorry,
ଦେଇଛି
sorry, sorry. ଏଇ ଭୁଲ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଇଦେଲି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ସରି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
ये की अजय महापात्र की
आ पोजीशन नु माय लॉर्ड ब्राउन शुगर सीजर
भूल इन्फॉर्मेशन दियोनी ठीक करी कह ठीक
My
करी ना
योर लॉर्डशिप फॉर अ
बिल्कुल
मोमेंट
नहीं,
चार्जशीट टा
बिल्कुल रॉन्ग
चार्जशीट टा देखो माय लॉर्ड
अरे चार्जशीट कौन लिखी ऑर्डर बिना देखी ऑर्डर
चार्जशीट माय लॉर्ड आई हैव द चार्जशीट योर लॉर्डशिप फॉर अ मोमेंट
मैं भी हैविंग
लास्ट पेज माय लॉर्ड thereafter I verified my thereafter the dicky of motorcycle was searched in presence of executive magistrate and independent witness during search one white transparent polythene packet containing some powder with brown sugar look and one Aadhaar card bearing number so and so
and
in
here
the-
another thing business hold on ए लोकटा ए केस रे इन्वॉल्व
my lord
ए केस रे
हाँ
ये केंति 2 वर्ष स्पेंड कर सालानी
absconder ଥିଲେ
हां
absconder ଥିଲେ
हां अबे
and he is the kingpin he engaged
23 रे करी कि आपण 23 रे ए लोक 2.5 वर्ष रही बोली देछि मु
he engaged two other
କିଛି my lord ଏଟା ଛୁଟି my lord ଟିକେ my lord kindly
6 ମାସ ରେ ଦେବନି ମୁଁ
my lord
ନା,
ଛୁଟି
ନା।
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆସିଥିଲା କହିଥିଲେ
ଛୁଟି
କିଛି
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହଉ କି ଆଉ ବର୍ଷେ ରହୁ ତାପରେ ଛାଡିବି
କହିଥିଲେ
ଏଇ
କିଛି
ଲୋକ
ଦିନ
2.5 ବର୍ଷ ରହିଛି ତାକୁ ଦେଇଛି 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ରହୁ ସେ ଦେବି 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ରହୁ
କିଛି ଦିନ ରହିଲା ପରେ
बिल्कुल
ଛାଡ଼ିବେ ବୋଲି
ब्राउन सुगर वाला को
ନା ମୋ ପଜେସନ my lord
न वाले से गुटे गैंग समस्त
my lord I have no criminal
हां एमती आनी पुलिस पुलिस ना कौन
ମିଛରେ my lord
କିଛି ମିଛରେ ନାହିଁ।
lordship call for a criminal antecedent report nothing my lord nothing adverse
एटा ब्राउन सुगर कौन सिंपैथी
ପଜେସନ ସିଜର ହେଇଥିଲା I have not to say
Possession
anything, my
କଣ?
lord.
ସେ କଣ କରୁଥିଲା କଣ କରୁଥିଲା
my lord
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ କଣ ସେ କଲା
Krishna is the kingpin he engaged other two accused person for all these things he is the main accused
ତାର କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଅଛି
CDR ରେ ଅଛି close contact with the other accused persons at the relevant point of time
my lord fact
That-
ହେଉଛି my lord ସତ କଥା କହୁଛି my lord
ସତ
my lord
କଥା କିଛି
ଟିକେ
ନାହିଁ।
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ my lord
ସତ କଥା କିଛି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋ ଟିକେ my lord ମୁଁ ବ୍ରାଉନ ସୁଗାର ଖାଏ my lord this is
ବ୍ରାଉନ ସୁଗର ନ ଖାଇବା ଲୋକ ବେଶୀ କରନ୍ତି ଖାଇଲା ଲୋକ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ-
ଶୋଇବ ସବୁବେଳେ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୋ ନାଁଟାକୁ my lord ସେ କହିଦେଲା
ଖାଇବା ଲୋକ କେବେ କରିବ ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ନ ଖାଆନ୍ତିନି ସେମାନେ କରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଇସା ମିଳେ
my lord
ଆଉ ଖାଇ ସେ ବ୍ରାଉନ ସୁଗର ଖାଇବ
ସିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ କେତେବେଳେ କରିବ
କିଙ୍ଗ ପିନ୍ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି my lord ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ମୋ ନାଁ ନାହିଁ my lord
ସିଡିଆର ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଣ କହୁଛି ସିଡିଆର କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହ
ପୋଲିସ ତ my lord ସବୁ my lord better knows my lord
କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ତ ପୁରା ଭାଲି ଅସନ୍ଥ ମହାତ୍ମା ଆଉ ପୁଲିସ ଖାଲି ଖରାପ ଆପଣ ଏକଦମ ସନ୍ଥ ବାପରେ
ନା ପୋଲିସ ତ ସବୁ କେସରେ ସିନା ମେକ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି my lord
ସବୁ ପୁଲିସ କରିଦେଲା ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ କାଇଁ କଲାନି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ନାଁରେ କାଇଁ କଲା କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା କାଇଁ କଲାନି ସବୁ ପୁଲିସ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଏମିତି କରିଦଉଛି ତ ସେ ଲୋକ ନିଆଁ ନଥିଲେ ଧୂଆଁ ବାହାରିଯିବ
ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରମିଡିଏଟ ରହୁ ଆଉ
3 ମାସ ପାଇଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ my lord
ନା ନା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ବିଲକୁଲ
ନାଇଁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଲାଇଭ
ବିଲକୁଲ ଲାଇଭ ହେବନି ବ୍ରାଉନ ସୁଗର ମୁଁ
my lord ଘରେ କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି
ନଥିଲେ ନାଇଁ କାଇଁ କ୍ରାଇମ କରୁଥିଲା ମୋ ନଥିଲେ ବ୍ରାଉନ ସୁଗର କାଇଁ ଖାଉଥିଲା ସେ ଯଦି ଘରକୁ ଏତେ ଚିନ୍ତା ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ଯିଏ ଘରକୁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବ ସେ କ୍ରାଇମ କରିବନି
Live
ଘରେ ରହିବ ଭଲ କାମ କରିବ ସେ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ବ୍ରାଉନ ସୁଗର ବେପାର କରିବନି ଆଉ ଘର ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କିଏ କଣ କରିବ
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥାଉ my lord
No
for a
pending.
moment kind
You can always move କାଲି ବେଲେ ବି କାଲି
ନା ଆଉ ଥରେ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯାଇକି ଆସିବ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଛୁଟି
ମୁଁ
ପୂର୍ବରୁ
କହିଥିଲି ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଥିଲି କାଲି କହିଥିଲି ଏବେ
ମୁଁ
କହିଥିଲି
ମିଛ କହୁନି my lord ଆପଣ ଛୁଟି ପୂର୍ବରୁ କହିଥିଲେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିନ ରହୁ ବୋଲି
ରହୁ ଏଇଟା କିଛି ଦିନ ତାର ସାଥୀ 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ପାଇଛି ବୋଲେ ସେ 6 ମାସରେ ପାଇବ କଣ ପାଇଁ ପାରିଟି ହେଲା ଏଟା ପାରିଟି ହେଲା ସେଇ ସେମ୍ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ତା ସାଥୀ 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ବେଲ ପାଇଲା ଆଉ ସେ 6 ମାସରେ ପାଇବ ବାପ କି
ତା ପଜେସନରୁ ସିଜର ହେଇଥିଲା ମୋର possession
ବିଲକୁଲ ସେଇ କିଙ୍ଗ ପିନ୍ ତ ତାକୁ ବେଶୀ ମିଳିବା କଥା ସରି ରିଜେକ୍ଟ
Item 26.
always consider good case not bad case next
Item 26.
26
my lord may be disposed of as no instructions.
sorry
It may be disposed of as no instructions, my lord.
no instruction next next
Item 27.
27 27 Hadu Dora Kenati Non-appears, the last chance petitioner is granted 1 week time to appear in the matter, list the matter on 12th. Next,
Item 28.
28.
Item 20, your lordship, on behalf of my senior, our name may be deleted from the cause list. Mr.
Okay.
PK Padi and D. Ochad.
Okay, that's okay. Very
Brief
possible.
will transfer.
Just matter, let them register to verify if anybody has entered appearance in the petition or not. Okay, according to process the matter for listing. Next.
Obliged.
Item 29.
Yes, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. It is filed this application for contribution of delay, my lord. Delay was set expertise in
Delay.
my lord, 2014.
2014 to delay.
Because my lord, I have appeared, I have, and the honorable court, this one, my lord, has directed to issue notice. Notice was issued. The insurance company appeared, and the insurance company has not filed a counter, my lord, but the case has been dismissed for 1 day non-appearance. This is the difference.
My lord, I may be excused. In this matter, I have instruction to appear, but as per my instruction, company has not received any notice. So let my lord and friend may be directed to serve a notice on me, and if necessary, I will file a counter. I have instruction to appear.
Notice has been sent, my lord. Registered notice has been sent as per your lordship direction.
Would a copy de
Always, my lord, I'll copy, my lord.
Just a minute, 22nd February.
Always, my lord.
Next.
Item 30.
Obliged.
I had filed an application pleading the civil organization as a party to this proceeding pursuant to the lordship's order. In the board, it is also indicating the IN number 1054 by 2024.
It is allowed?
My lord, my lord will pass in judicial order. Just I have filed the application. That
Counsel for the petitioners. Submit that he has already filed an application to implement CIBIL as a party.
Yes.
Respondent. Accordingly, the application is allowed and let CIBIL be included as a party respondent in present case. Accordingly, they have considered the first title will file and it's the matter on 27th February. List registered post. Sorry, sub the copy by registered post. Within required file within 3 automation today. Next.
Item 31.
May it please your lordship. My lord,
In this case, it's a disposed of case, and I was appearing for the opposite party, my lord. They have been disposed of since long, my lord, since January. So my brief has
my lord,
been
may I just open my
legal
case
and
for
file
30
more
seconds.
order legal.
I respect my learned senior.
And
So I will serve the
order
copy.
may
May I
be
open my case at
20
once?
Sir, who is the petitioner? Let him please sit down. Let
I'm
him.
glad.
Yes, what is the issue?
I'm so grateful.
Yes.
My lord, I'll serve a copy to my learned senior. The
Why he
case is,
saying
my lord.
it is a dispose of
Yes.
case. Can you explain what is
Yes,
why it
yes,
is
yes,
dispose
my
of
lord.
case?
My lord, sir, it's a case I humbly pray for a recall of your lordship order or modification. Your lordship has confirmed the order of the learned district judge in which has arisen out of his application under 97 CRPC. My lords, I do not have any dispute so far as your lordship's confirmation of the order so far as 97 is concerned. In district judge has committed an error deciding the custody of the children in a 97 application. Thereby, my right under the civil law before the civil court has been taken away. That part I humbly pray for a modification. Why, my lords? I am not coming to the 97. Considering the fact that there was no ingredients of 97 made out, and then
You
also
have filed IA.
Yes, madam. Yes.
IA for modification.
Yes, ma'am.
Rejected. Next.
Malas,
I am not doing it.
my
I have already taken into account all aspects.
No, Malas, that is what my open my case, Malas. I'll just bring your lordship.
Why didn't you say that on that day then?
No, I was not the counsel, and it was given a wrong impression to your lordship. Yes, my lord. I'll say that, my lord. Lordship, there are two submission, my lord. One is under the law.
I don't think anything wrong in the
No, my lord. I'm not saying it is wrong, my lord. What has happened, my lord? My lord,
I rejected.
Lordship, may kindly hear me for a minute.
No,
Lordship, may kindly hear me for a moment, my lord. I bowed down, my lord.
No.
I just open.
You don't have any case for.
No, I don't.
I
My
don't
lord,
want
so
to
far as
modify any
97 is concerned, I'm not saying.
No,
So far as custody, because of the wrong committed by the.
I dismissed.
My lord,
I dismiss. Aketar kahi.
No, my lords, what my lords, I bowed out. My lords, with greatest respect, my just 2 lines, my lords. My lords, your lordship has.
You are present on that day.
No, my lords, I was. Some other council was there.
How can I be responsible for other council?
No, my lords, I take that responsibility.
You take responsibility. Don't take. I don't bother.
No, lords.
On that day in the open court, I dictated the order. Nobody has objected anything. Open court, I dictated the order.
My lords, I bowed out. My lords,
and now you are saying all this problem.
May say, just 2 lines.
No, sorry.
My lords, on merit, I'll say 2 lines. Lords, I bowed out.
Favor
No, absolutely not. Absolutely no. May just 2 lines, my lords. My lords, lordship has always inspired us to be holistic. That is
holistic, fine, but holistic.
No, my lords, yes, that is why I'll say on that count, I'll say only 2 lines, which I have not said. My lordship may kindly allow me to say that. Then only your lordship, whatever lordship has, I'll bow down, my lords.
Sorry.
My lords, lordship has always
for
the children,
inspire for good case, not like this.
But it's a very good case, my lord. I lordship just allow me to make 2 sentences.
Gote father, gote chua, ta nijo chua ko don't good. That is better case kichi hi par na pare.
That's a peculiar case, my lord.
Peculiar kichi nahi. Ta chua ko se jaga kala chhad deta.
No, it is not. What I'm submit, only 2 lines. That only 2 lines. Lordship may observe that and whatever.
I am not observing anything. I am not going to touch the order.
But then
if you have any problem, go to Supreme Court.
No.
Supreme Court.
Everybody cannot afford to go to. But everybody cannot afford.
Then no.
What I humbly beg to submit 2 lines. I'll submit. Then your lordship, for my satisfaction at least. 97 application cannot decide the custody. Now the district judge committed an error by deciding the custody of the children, and we do not dispute that. Let the father.
He can decide. He can decide.
No.
No.
In the 97 CRPC cannot.
Sir, the paramount or the welfare of the children is the paramount consideration.
That has not been considered.
If he finds that the welfare of the children is there, then he can always decide.
My lord, that has not been considered.
Okay.
Nowhere, my lords.
Now go. Okay. Next time.
My lords, one
next
second line.
Our second line.
Let this
Unnecessary, don't waste my time. You're wasting my time. Please. No.
Your lordship slapped order 29/2023.
Disposal case.
Disposal case. I'm submitting.
कौन है जितना?
Sir, 12 lakh टका डिपोजिट करेगा.
आपने डिपॉजिट करे ना नहीं?
Only sir 5 lakh टका डिपोजिट. 7 lakh टका. मात्र.
आगे एठी मु एठी बसि आपण पंचायती करे भी बसि. आपण को OTS मतलब OTS one time settlement. One time माने one time. It can't be 2, 3, 4 time. That you should understand.
1 month भीतर आपण थे.
I बिल्कुल
disposal कर दो.
Within 1 month भीतर.
Sorry sir.
Sir गोटे sir last.
बिल्कुल ना.
Sir last chance.
If bank consider, I don't have any.
हाँ sir 15 दिन.
Bank consider करिबा.
Report करते.
Bank यदि करिबे मो करिबे.
Milord, it is after the before.
नहीं मो पर धर्म संकट पकाने मत.
Milord.
Bank चाहिबो मो किसी.
Milord.
Bank. Bank. Bank कौन कुछ.
पैसा कब?
Sir, this month. February.
Sorry, I will take instruction. कौन है?
Let him take instruction. Okay, what OTS गुड़ा करे.
नुआ रीट गुड़ा.
आपण माने पैसा फीस देबे बैंक वाला कौन पे करिवो. Nothing, sorry.
हाँ सर. तो instruction दे दो next week.
Next week नहीं, 2 दिन भीतर instruction. 2 days. Let him take instruction. If the bank instruction regarding केते देछंती?
Sir, 5 lakh I have already paid. Out of 12.
कोर्ट रो ऑर्डर नौ छंती.
Sir, decided my lord has
12 लाख टका दियो बोली गिरी. सेते बेले आपण तापर पुनी कोजे आज्ञा उदय पल्लिनी.
सहित पे सर आपण द्वार को आस्ट.
द्वार मो द्वार नहीं. एटा मो द्वार नहीं. एटा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन द्वार. हां कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन has nothing to do with this तमरो इंटरसेप्ट पब्लिक डिस्प्यूट पई. Unnecessary. I am bound by I am created by the law. Not my द्वार. It's not मो घर को हैला मो द्वार. एठी नहीं. Next. क्वार्टर भी मो द्वारा नुहे सेते मो क्वार्टर भी द्वारा फर माने नहीं. सो आपण बैंक रो नियंतु इंस्ट्रक्शन.
Milord.
Not concept for the bank to take instruction. If the outstanding amount is payable within कब जाए 31
सर 28 February गोटे मास 15 दिन मैक्सिमम. February
15 दिन हला.
February तो सर ऑफिस मास नहीं.
ऑफिस मास 15 दिन
20 दिन
खड़ा लोग होगा बन लिखा हला 28 दिन गोटे मास होची 29 दिन आपण लीप ईयर
लीव ईयर सर
फिर
सर आपण
ଆଉ ଏଇ ଦିନର 2 ଦିନ
ଯାହା
30
ଦେବେ
ଦିନ
sir,
ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମାସ
ଆମେ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରୁଛୁ ଆପଣ ସାର୍
15 days
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
15 days ଦେବେ ଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
by 15 February
15
or not
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
let him take instruction and inform the court on February 2nd ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
second day.
Lord, my name is indicated.
Yes.
No, in the contract.
OTS ନଉଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ you have to respect the
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
court
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
order. This is not
ଠିକ,
done.
ଠିକ, sir,
ଆପଣ
ଆପଣ-
ଆସିକିରି ଆମ 226 କୋର୍ଟ ସବୁ କରି ପକେଇବ
ନାଇଁ 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 sir।
ଯୋଉଟା କରିବା
ମୁଁ
କଥା
ସାର୍
ନା ଆମେ
କେତେବେଳେ
କରୁଛୁ।
କୋଉଠି ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଗରିବ ଲୋକଟା ହଇରାଣ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ନହେଲେ
ଗରିବ
ସବୁ
ଲୋକଟା ହଇରାଣ ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଲୋନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ନେଲାବେଳେ ମତେ ପଚାରିଥିଲା
ନାଇଁ।
ଆଉ ଫିର ହଇରାଣ ହେଲା ହେଲା କି କଣ କରିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 33.
33
May I please, Your Lordship?
କଣ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏଟା
My Lord, I have filed an application for modification of Your Lordship's order, my Lord.
what is the modification
While Your Lordship considering the writ application, Your Lordship directed the opposite party number 1 and 2, the LIC,
hmm.
to disburse the amount proportionately among the legal heirs, Your Lordship.
yes
Your Lordship may come to para 9 of the order,
hmm.
last portion, Your Lordship.
oh.
Amount lying with the LIC,
Abstain from paying from disbursing the amount relating to position
that
in
is
favor of
petitioner as well as the opposite party number 3 to 5.
Hmm.
So 3 is the nominee, my Lord, he is not the legal heir. My submission is, Your Lordship, that
just
part may
hold on,
be
hold on. କଣ ଲେଖା
rectified,
ହେଇଛି ପଢନ୍ତୁ
my Lord.
as an interim
ମୁଁ ପଢିଛି,
measure
sir.
this court ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ତ ନ ବୁଝିକିରି ଖାଲି କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ this court restrains the opposite party number 1 and 2 from disbursing the amount relating to LIC policy bearing so and so in favor of opposite party number 3 nominee till the next date of listing of this matter nominee କୁ ନ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ଏଥିରେ
ନାଇଁ, ସେଇଟା
nominee କୁ ନ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ restrain କରାଯାଇଛି LIC କୁ ଭୁଲ କୋଉଠି ହେଲା
ଏଇଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା
କୋଡ କୋଡ
Opposite party number 3 found
ନାଇଁ
place in
ଏଇଟା
the order.
ମୋର
That is the confusion.
ମେନ୍ ରିଟରେ ମୁଁ
ଏଟା
ମଡିଫିକେସନ
4-5 ହବ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
କୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି
ସାର୍ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 9 ଅଫ ଦି ଅର୍ଡର, my Lord.
ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର
Order passed in the writ application
5-10 ଅର୍ଡର
22/11/23.
22-11-23
Aye. My Lord, scenario is appearing for LIC, my Lord.
considering submission of parties and looking to the factual scenario of the case this court directs the petitioner as well as the opposite party number 3 to 5 to approach the so 3 ଟା nominee
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଟା 4-5 ହବା କଥା
ସେଟା 4 and 5 ହବ
4 and rectify कर दे
My lord, in
Four.
this case, I am appealing for the OP number 3 to 5.
ठीक है 4 कथा कहूची
हाँ,
3
no,
को कहूनी
your lordship kindly.
3 is a nominee so I am not considering the nominee
No, you have
4
not.
and
Your
5
lordship
4 to 5
have not directed to pay the nominee. Your lordship have directed whoever will produce the legal heir certificate. Your lordship kindly.
factual scenario of the case this court directs the petitioner as well as the opposite party number 3 to 4 to approach आपण approach କରିବା ପାଇଁ 3 जगह 4 कर देला गला एते कथा कोण मा
No, no, because I am.
4 तो कर देला एती कथा आ कंफ्यूज काय करछन आपण
No, no, I am not confusing. Your lordship kindly glance at the order. Direct the petitioner as well as the OP number 3 to 5 to approach the OP number 2 branch manager LIC of the so and so branch with the legal heir certificates and the OP number 2.
Huh?
And the OP number 2 shall disburse the amount whoever have.
OP number 2 LIC.
Yes, ma'am.
OP number 3 nominee.
Yes,
so nominee जगह 4-5 कर दे काम
But in respect of the nominee, your lordship last year.
अरे भाई nominee रा किछि रोल नाही nominee टका दे
But
पाइबनी
in due discharge of the.
what discharge nominee किछि पाइबनी
But if your lordship can appreciate.
nominee किए भाई भाई कौन करे
He is a farmer.
farmer
Yes, ma'am.
मो भाई किछि पाइबनी
Your lordship can appreciate.
तार छुआ माने पाइबनी
Then in due discharge of the duty, how the insurer will do discharge
अरे
of the
सर
duty because I am.
तार इंश्योरेंस में ऑर्डर पास कराई छी 4-5 करो
No, your lordship can glance at the Supreme Court judgment that their lordship.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट मते देखा नहीं बहुत देखि 4-5 लग किछि सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट nothing doing I am not going to see any supreme court judgment I am much well aware of all
Then
this
in such a case, there is no need of nominee, my lord, in the LIC policy.
nominee
How the insurer will.
nominee एथि पे करा गला जेते सपोज से गुडे ट्रस्टेड लोक गला जेते बळे को लोक माने वो समर मैरिज करनी जेते बळे गुडे काको नॉमिनी करथिबो
But if
भाई को गला के बापा को गला का गुडे ता अर्थ नै बापा नै के सब पैसा पळेबो
I appreciate your lordship, but your
ନା
lordship
ସେ
can
share ପାଇବ,
appreciate.
share ବି ପାଇବ ନାହିଁ, ତା
If-
ନିଜ ଛୁଆ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ପାଇବେନି।
If that LIC
Considering all
policy-
this aspect, your lordship
Your
passed the order.
lordship, your lordship kindly appreciate.
ସାର୍ ଆଉ
that.
ଅଧିକ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁନି
If
ପ୍ଲିଜ।
there are some, no, if there are some dues, then how that
the 4 ଲେଖି ଦିଅ। On the paragraph 9 the number this read as 4 to 5 in the other part of the order
4 and 5.
4 to 5 like
but your lordship can kindly
4 to
clarify.
5,
my lord.
4 and 5.
4 and 5, 4 to 5
Yes, lordship.
It must be disbursed in my favor, my
sir
lord.
why you disperse in your favor sir ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ଦିଆହବ?
In view of section
ଯୋଉ ମାନେ
39,
କିଛି ନାହିଁ section
your lordship can appreciate. If there are some dues, then how it will be, your lordship can, that is why the Supreme Court has said that clear, as your lordship
କଣ
knows,
ଲେଖି
that
Supreme Court
your lordship
ପଢିଲେ
can appreciate that.
କୋ paragraph
And
ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
add those portions, para 12 and 13. And then the placidum, that
placidum ରେ ପଢାଯାଏ order
no, para 12, I have marked those portions. I have given the entire.
ସବୁବେଳେ order paragraph ପଢିବେ, placidum ରେ ପଢିବେନି। placidum ରେ ଯିଏ ପଢେ ସେ
Oblige.
ତାଠୁ ଗୋଟେ ମୂର୍ଖ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ନାହାନ୍ତି।
Obligement.
placidum କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦିଆଯାଏ? କୋଉଠି କୋଉ paragraph find out କରିବା ପାଇଁ, not to
In Sarvati Devi case, my lord, all everything has
No,
been
that has
decided.
been taken note.
କୋଉଟା କୋଉ paragraph
Sarvati Devi case ରେ ସବୁ decide ହେଇସାରିଛି already.
No, that is not.
The nominee has no beneficiary right.
If my lord and senior, your lordship can appreciate by taking note of that decision. This is the latest decision in which.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ପଢେ ସାର୍, ଟିକେ ପଢିବାକୁ ଦେବେନି କି?
No, sorry.
ଏତେ ସବୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
I'm extremely
ତାହେଲେ
sorry.
ଠିକ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଛି, ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରିଛି। ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ନମିନି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଗୋଟେ ନମିନି ହେଲା ଯେ ଯଦି ସେ ୱାଇଫ ହେଇଥିବ, ୱାଇଫ ନମିନି ଅଛି, ଯିଏକି ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ବି ହେଲା, ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ୱାଇଫ କୁ ହିଁ ଦେଇଦେବି। ଯୋଉ ସପୋଜ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ୱାଇଫ ନାହିଁ କି somebody else ଆଉଟସାଇଡର ଅଛି, ମାନେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କଜିନ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ କି ଆଉ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ, ସେ କେୟାରଟେକର କାମ କରିବ, ନଟ୍ ଟୁ ଗେଟିଂ ଏଭରିଥିଙ୍ଗ। ତାକୁ କିଛି ମିଳିବନି, ଓନ୍ଲି ଇଜ କେୟାରଟେକର।
That your lordship may clarify.
Because
that is the because
order clear ଅଛି,
because the husband has
Order
not
ରେ
changed the. Your lordship can appreciate.
ହଁ order clarity ଅଛି, order କିଛି ଭୁଲ
LIC policies of the year 2016. After marriage also he has.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ରୋଲ ଅଛି, ସେଠି କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ପଇସା ପାଇବେ? ମ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ପଇସା ହଉଛନ୍ତି, ଟିକେ ରଖି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଛୁଆ ମାନଙ୍କ ବେନିଫିଟ ପାଇବେ। କଣ ଆସିଲା ଟିକେ ତ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ଲୋକ ଖାଲି ପଇସା ଖାଲି ନେଇକି ପଳାନ୍ତା।
Otherwise, how the
ଲୟର ବି କରି ପକେଇଲା ସେ ପଇସା ପାଇଁ, ଆପଣ ଆସନ୍ତିନି ଯେମିତି।
this is a point of that
ନମିନିର
has been
ଲୋକ
decided
ଚାହିଁଲେ
by-
ଆସନ୍ତିନି, ସେ ଲୋକ ପଇସା ପାଇବାର ଚକ୍କରରେ ସବୁ କିଛି କରି ପକେଇଲେ, କିଛି ହେଲାନି।
that this is the point of that has been decided by the honorable apex
ସାର୍
court,
ଅନରେବୁଲ
taking into-
ଏପେକ୍ସ କୋର୍ଟ ର କୋଉ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା, ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ଫାଳେ ପଢିଦେଲେ କରିଦେଲେ।
here the nominee has gone before the honorable apex court, and honorable apex court has to
ସାର୍
please.
ନମିନି ମାନେ ନମିନି ପ୍ରକାର କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର ନମିନି ଅଛି? ଗୋଟେ ବେଳେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ ଏୟାର ବି ନମିନି ଥାଏ, ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ବି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ।
Yes.
ସେଟା ବାହା ଆଉଟସାଇଡର ନମିନି ଥିବ, ସେଠି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ବି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ। ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟିଂଗୁଇଶ ନା। ଖାଲି ନମିନି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଖି ନମିନି ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଗୁଗଲ ମାର ୱାର୍ଡ ନମିନି ହେଲା, ନମିନି
In the
ମାରିଦେଲେ।
said case, brother is the nominee also.
ବ୍ରଦର ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ବ୍ରଦର ଇଜ ଯଦି ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରଦର ହେଇଥିଲା ବିଲକୁଲ ପାଇଥାନ୍ତା।
I am the dependent brother.
ହାଉ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ୟୁର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି।
Don't,
Abro
your
family
lordship, because I am a farmer, my lord. And
Farmer to?
2016.
फार्मर तो
But but the insurance company has to disburse in my favor.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
Then I have to. That is
बिल्कुल
as a
लीगल एयर
lordship
को
knows-
दो।
No, no.
ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ବି ନୁହଁ।
With regard to the OP number 4 and 5, absolutely. But with regard to OP number 3, it is to be disbursed in favor of the
No,
nominee.
sir.
Otherwise, there is no purpose of nominee in the policy.
No, sir, no. I said no.
Then-
ଯଦି ମୋର ଅର୍ଡର ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
No, no, no.
ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡର କନଫର୍ମ ନ ହବ
I
ମତେ
can,
କହିବେ।
I can,
ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ କହି ଦଉଛି, କନଫର୍ମ ନହେଲେ ମତେ କହିବେ। 101% confirm
That is
about
open, as your lordship knows, that
ମୁଁ
is
ଏମିତି ଏମିତି ଇଆଡେ ସିଆଡେ ଲେଖେନି ସବୁ ଭାବିଚିନ୍ତି କି ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଛି ସେଟା ଖାଲି ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି 3 ଜାଗାରେ
then ଆପଣ ଠିକ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ legal except if at all I am not a legal
କାଟି ଦେଇକି 4 ଲେଖା ହବ ଠିକ ଲେଖି
if at all I am not a legal it will not be
क्यों
disputed.
आर्ग्यू करते हो मेरे भाई
No, no, because
4 करो 4 कर दे बाकी सब सेम नेक्स्ट
4 and 5.
Item 34.
4 to 5 कर दिली परा 4 to 5 नेक्स्ट
Diploma.
Item 34.
obligation.
34 non appears नांदी की
Last time
non appears it seems that the petition and the last occasion also non appears on 31%. Next
Item number 37.
37
Defect removing. Defect removing 2017.
the defect has not yet been removed by the petitioner since 2016 29/9/2016. Last chance is granted to the petitioner to remove the defects within a week from today, failing which the petition shall stand dismissed without reference to this court. Next
38.
May I please? The opposite party's father filed a suit for partition at Titlagarh, and in that suit, an application was filed for injunction not to raise any construction over a suit land. The opposite party filed an affidavit stating therein that I am not raising construction of house. It is a criminal division. I am 1 minute.
Okay.
The opposite party
It
filed an
sounds like a
affidavit.
civil
No, no,
case.
of
That's
the
why I asked.
opposite party. How funny the case is, I am stating. The opposite party filed an affidavit. I am raising the boundary wall, but not raising any construction over the suit land. Then the opposite party, present opposite party, who is the son of the plaintiff, filed an complaint case before the magistrate to take cognizance under section 193 IPC. If there is any false affidavit, that has to be adjudicated by the concerned court. Not no complaint, private complaint is maintainable. In order to take cognizance under section 193, that is perjury, one application has to be filed taking the Q procedure of section 195 CRPC. And private complaint is prohibited. Law is well settled since long, and I have got some judgment.
Who is the opposite party? Who is the
They-
opposite party?
Opposite party,
Benati.
DK Mahath.
Huh?
And-
Inform करना तो ठीक है.
Who, Kintu, in the meantime, your lordship may kindly have a glance to the interim order. The interim order was granted, but thereafter, in view of Asian's resurgency, that order has been vacated by the one trial court, and there he is proceeding with it.
Surface is a boring order.
I got
Not a-
it.
Even
I'm
Supreme Court
खाली-
is now considering it to reconsider it.
More than 19 judgment देखो जोटारे कहउछन private complaint under section 193 is not maintainable. Cool. Two judgment I am citing.
Let the other party come. We'll see.
But
We'll
the
finish it.
interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. Please the matter on 12. ଆଉ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଡାକି କହିଦେବେ. If you know him, just inform him.
ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି।
The opposite party, non-appear for the opposite party. It's from the record. It reveals that it's a BK Mahanti.
DK Mahath. Yes.
D or B?
D.
DK Mahanti appears on behalf of the opposite party, which is not present today. It is directed that the opposite party counsel shall be present in the next revelation hearing, or else this court shall proceed. Expert.
The interim order was granted on 25/11/2016.
Item 40.
40.
अरे बाबा जो ऑर्डर अछि
Item number 40.
40.
Now the defect we remove any.
Any? Non-appears for the petitioner. Defects for the there have been defects pointed out by the registry which have not been cured yet. Last chance, we granted the petition to cure the defects within 1 week, failing which the court we met and dismissed without reference to the court. Next.
Item 41.
41. 41. Nandiki.
Same. The defect removing.
Same order. Same order.
42.
42.
Same.
Same order. 43.
43.
43. Same order. Same order. 44.
44 to withdrawal.
Withdrawal. 45.
45.
Please, your lordship, I am for OP 2 and 3, my lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner.
9. Petitioner.
My lord, in this case, the appellant challenged the order of learned JMFC and subsequently they have appealed to the learned session judge. They have challenged and praying for stay the execution case.
Delay.
Delay.
Opposite party petitioner named.
May I pray one thing, my lord? I'm repeatedly harassing my lord because of your.
What?
I'm repeatedly harassing my lord.
But,
no, harassed by.
Sentence.
No, I'm withdrawing my lord. No, I am repeatedly harassing. No, my lord, I am repeatedly harassed by the appellant because non-payment of the maintenance amount.
I am repeatedly harassing.
No.
You are harassing, are you here?
No. Harassed. Okay. Because of non-payment of the maintenance amount, your lordship directed
50,000
50,000. The rest of amount is 1,60,000. That is the case of one execution case. Subsequently, 2024.
Let him come. Now, appears for say opposite party key. Oh, sorry. Petitioner counsel key. He came on the next. I'm granting 5 days time. 12 days. Petitioner is absent. Non-appears for the petitioner. I would have no Next.
Item 46.
46, I pray 1 week time to remove the defect.
1 week time granted to remove the defects. Next.
Item 47.
47.
47, it's a criminal division of the state, my lord. The defect is there, I am permitted 1 week time.
Okay, Lord, consider this petitioner. It is a case study.
It is a case, there is a violation of the good behavior bond.
Good behavior bond.
By the opposite party, private opposite party.
Okay.
Therefore, bail was cancelled, security was cancelled, bond was cancelled. Against that order.
He is not behaving well.
My lord, charita case aguru thila, Docaity 302, everything was there. He furnished a bail bond and accordingly went on bail. After that, again he has committed some offences.
That's it. This is the matter. 15.
Fine.
15. Next. Next.
Item 48.
48.
My lord, 1 week time may be allowed.
1 week time
Ma'am.
for removal of defects. 1 week time.
Removal defects.
Next. 49.
Item 49.
My lord, may I please, my lord, here the revision arising out of a domestic violence proceeding, interim maintenance was allowed, my lord. My lord,
If for a limitation
my
not
lord,
taken.
it is within the limitation I have filed it,
Okay.
and also certified copy already filed under the court, my lord.
So now what is the case about?
My lord, the case, my lord, the allegation of omnibus allegation of torture and incapability of the
Limitation.
limitation, there is no limitation.
How?
My lord, within time I have filed 25/7 order was passed and 13/10 I have passed within 90 days, my lord. That may be ignored, my lord.
48 days.
Huh?
141.
141 days.
25/7 13/12 রে ফাইল করছেন।
Within
13/12
13/12 within
13/10 I have filed. 13/10.
wrong calculation.
Okay. The defects may be ignored since the calculation of the limitation could be wrong calculated by the rest. Now the next. Okay, issue notice. 3 working days.
I'll take registered for
List the matter on 20th. February.
My lord, stay operation of annexure 9, my lord.
Stay
Operation of annexure 9.
Next.
Item 50.
50.
50, my lord, the brief has been taken back by the client since long, my lord. I am extremely sorry. Last occasion, I was not available. My lord and friend prayed for time.
Okay. Grant counsel for the petition for task submit that brief has already been taken from him by the client. Hence, we wish to verify if any other counsel related appearance on the petition. According to the procession. Next.
My name should also be deleted.
I'm appealing for the bank.
Thus, your name is there, so that nothing to be.
My name should be deleted, man.
Appointment.
Obliged.
Next.
Item number 52.
52.
Your lordship, this matter has become infructuous.
Infructuous.
And there are 2 more writ that has not come on board.
Yours
It
are
is the
infructuous.
same matter.
Can you give them the number of the 2 reads?
Yes, I have 3 memos.
Another is 10741. Right.
Yes, and the other one is 10740.
Today it is listed, no?
No, today only one case.
10742 has been listed.
Set the agent. Kali lagay beta.
So I am appealing for the open note to Union of India.
Kal lagay. Baki ye dite kal lagay. What is your good name?
Arushmita Acharya.
Arushmita Acharya. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Mukherjee.
Yes.
Mukherjee. Structures. Exposure purpose. How data kal lagay hala. ठीक
And the J Naik CGC my lord. That's it.
Mr. Naik CGC. J Naik Central Government Council. Next.
Item 53.
53.
53, my lord, I am in VC. I have filed a memo to withdraw the petition with the Liberty Press Conservation arrows. That's the regarding the seizure of vehicle.
I'm for the oxygen.
Petition. Next.
Item 54.
54. 54. None appears. 1 week time granted for the parties to appear. List the matter on 5th. Sorry. 5th. Next.
55.
I am from VC, my lord. This matter has been listed that the notice has been returned from opposite party through 3 due to insufficient address, my lord.
Matter
For that purpose, I am making a request that my representation on annexure 3 may be directed to opposite party 3 for consideration, my lord.
कौन रिप्रेजेंटेशन ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
ଏଥିରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଖରିଫ ଲୋନ ଆଣିଥିଲା ସେଟା 13,000 ଟଙ୍କା ସେଥିରେ ସେ କଟିଗଲା କଣ ତ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କଲା ପରେ 6,000 ଟଙ୍କା କାଟିକି ଆଉ 6,970 ଟଙ୍କା ଦବାର ଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ ସେ ତ ଗୋଟେ 40,000 ଟଙ୍କା କ୍ଲେମ କଲେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ରିପେନସନ ଦେଲୁ ଯେ 15,000 ଟଙ୍କା ତାକୁ ସେଟଲ କରିଦିଅ that has been not been settled finally I have in view of the honorable high court's order I have already deposited 4,000
Petition is directed to approach the
opposite party 3
opposite party number 3 along with a fresh representation. Hello.
Yes, yes.
The said opposite party number 3 shall consider the representation of the parent petitioner within 1 week, 1 month from the date of presentation of the representation and pass a written order within the episode within the episode. Next, dispose of. Next.
Item 56.
Now. What is the wait time last? Non-episode petition. Wait for time is petition. Okay, the matter. This one fit. Next. Next.
Item 57.
Sir, my lords, is that crop insurance matter? You lords
That
have
is, I think,
posted-
some other day, no?
13th.
13th. So 13th.
Another three matters, 61, 60, 61 and 62.
60, 61, 60. Okay. Next.
Item 58.
58? 58? 58? No, no, please for the part. On fifth. Next.
Item 59.
May I please, your lordships? My lord, the opposite party authorities are not recognizing my homeopathy certificate, my lords. They are not considering me as a practitioner. In the counter, my lords, they have stated that I have not applied in proper format. So liberty may be given, I will apply before the authorities, my lords, submitting the original degree certificate.
14 रो फाइल करके अपने क्या बसते हैं कॉलेज बस हाउ सिंसियर योर क्लाइंट इज व्हाट इज ईयर फॉर
Lordship, I am for opposite party 1, state of
I am
Odisha.
for 3. State of Odisha.
My
What
lords.
is your name?
Nikhil Pratap, my lords.
I have not seen you earlier.
My lords, this is my first day in this.
Before you.
So because you are homeopath, you are a homeopath.
Yes, ma'am.
You have got the certificate.
Yes, ma'am.
You have studied. Where did you study?
No, no, the registration certificate not to produce the original certificate.
The degree
That is the
certificate-
old trouble.
So you have studied homeopathy
Yes, my lords.
from?
That instructions have not been known.
केमती जानिबेनी सर सर्टिफिकेट कोडी अछि देखले टिके
That has not been filed, my lords. Only
File
annexure
certificate.
1, the registration certificate is there.
अपन प्रैक्टिस करे होम्योपैथी रे बॉडी बही पढ़ी के बहुत लोग प्रैक्टिस करंदी सेति पे कहूची there are many people who just read book and they practice homeopathy
Homeopathy ki
Grandfather used to do.
many every city you will find one or two such persons without studying homeopathy BHPH कोन पढ़ंती से न पढ़ी के से पप्पा करंती सेति पे मना करथि कि दिछि सर्टिफिकेट प्रोड्यूस करो
सेटा without registration से माने प्रैक्टिस करंती
सर ठीक अछि जे अपन सर्टिफिकेट देले कोन असुविधा अछि
Only certificate of registration is there, my lords.
There, where is
Annexure 1, Raj.
Annexure 1?
Central Council of Biochemics and Complex Homeo Medicines.
So you have to say you want to
The
approve-
state board is not
That-
accepting.
That is not the certificate. That the registration certificate. He has to produce the
your degree.
A degree set.
Sir, degree कहाँ है? Show the degree.
Liberty, I will produce if at least.
Liberty को आना तो degree मुआ liberty को. I need to get the degree certificate. and ask the petitioner to obtain the degree certificate of the homeopathy, the bachelor in homeopathy degree certificate. Bachelor in homeopathy degree certificate, list the matter on 12. Next,
Item 63.
63.
63, I am on VC, Lord. The matter relating to our challenging the award. Your Lordship may call
Which
after 2
award,
weeks.
sir? Just which award?
Award by the permanent Lok Adalat, that is under Annexure 1.
Lok Adalat.
My Lord. Since the old matter, Your Lordship may grant 2 weeks time so that what is the development in the meantime, I will take instruction.
Okay, land constitution 2 weeks time to take instruction. The matter is old matter. This matter on 22nd February.
My Lord.
Next.
64.
64. 64. Non-APS. Defects क्यों है नहीं?
Yes.
Defect क्यों है
No, counter has been filed, my lords.
Counter filing.
Non-APS for the deposit. Good time. Non-APS for the deposit party. Sorry, the petitioner. Yes, the matter on 5th. So finally, next.
Item number 67.
57. Non-APS.
67, I am appearing for the opposite partner 2.
Petitioner तो नाम sir. Non-APS. Yes. 5 years. Next. Next.
Item number 68.
Passover, madam.
5 years.
No blood.
Petitioner नहीं किया.
In 68, I am instructed to appear on behalf of opposite party number 4 and 5.
Petitioner की. Non-APS for the petitioner. List the matter on 5th. 69.
69.
Non-APS. Defects. Remove the defects. Any. Oh, देखी ना देखी.
69 sir. Fine. Annexer as per sir annex.
69. Defect remove है नहीं बोला.
As per sir annexer 3 is filed.
है नहीं जी. लिखाई जी not
Sorry, not filed.
है जी.
No.
Counter has not.
Let the defects be removed to one. Next.
70.
70.
Item 70, my lords, this surface action is under challenge. On the last occasion, my learned friend took time to verify the judgment as passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in Agarwal Tracom Private Limited versus Punjab National Bank, reported in 2018, 1 SCC 626.
What is the order? এটা কোথি পেন্দিলা?
Surface action is under challenge, my lords.
Surface is আমার এটি আছে রাতন।
No. This is not the
Surface আসলে আমার এটি আছে।
না surface no.
কোন পেতাল?
আমি হচ্ছে auction purchaser.
ও আচ্ছা auction purchaser.
Auction purchaser, we have deposited 25% of the auction amount.
পাইবে তো আগলা সে অগ্রওয়াল সে অর্ডার সে পেয়েছি। আপনাকে পাই আছে সেটা।
আর আমি কোন আম পে ডিআরটি আমি কেমি ଯିବୁ ଆମର ତ neither we are loany nor
স্যার আপন কইলি
Any person is any person.
Oh, sorry.
Once you are a successful, you are a successful bidder and you have deposited the money, you are bound to get the property.
Yes.
That cannot be taken away from you. Is it correct?
No, yes, that is correct, my lord. But at the same time, he has not deposited the remaining 75%.
Catch is there.
No.
They have not deposited the 75,000.
No,
sorry,
75%.
And in the meantime,
after depositing 25%.
depositing खाली 25% आपण होईनी आपण टोटल जेतेबेले पूरा डिपॉजिट कर देबे सेल सर्टिफिकेट दिया है ता परे जाई ता
No,
पूर्व नुहे
no, my claim is not that.
your claim is what
My claim is
हाँ.
25% I deposited.
हाँ.
So on verification of the land, we found that the road which was shown, there was no such road.
हाँ.
So we have submitted a representation not to proceed further in the auction, and the amount deposited may be refunded. That much we are interested. We are not about the property.
I thought in a different way.
My lord.
But
Yes.
my lords, that is also not correct in view of the fact that in the meantime we have sold away that property because he has not taken deposited the 70.
ताको पैसा फेरे देंतु खत्म ताकर 25% फेरे देंतु
If the bank is ready to provide the road.
के सर टिके अटकंतु ना
Sorry. I'm sorry.
गोटे कोथा सुनिबा को
I'm sorry.
अच्छा ए जो 25% डिपॉजिट रे रेस्ट 75% केते दिन भीतर देवार थिला
सेटा सेतोळको जो बिकॉज एटा पुराना केस अछि मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली 15 days टाइम तापर बैंक कैन अलाउ दैट
तापर बैंक से 25% फॉरफिट कर दो
बट एबे हां 16 पर जो हमर ये आछि अमेंडमेंट आछि सेतिर 3 मास भीतर देबा
तो आपण जेतेबेले एटा हेतला सेतेबेले को नोटिफिकेशन थिला
Eta most probably my lord because the acceptance bid was issued on 8/11/2016. So most probably the earlier provision was there, my lord, before the amendment.
So earlier mean 15 days.
15 days and bank can allow then.
No. I'm saying bank can the bank forfeit the amount? I'm asking.
Yes, my lord.
As per your condition, is there any forfeiture clause?
Yes, my lord.
For
For
that
rule.
show the forfeiture clause. आपण न देले जदि भूल रे आपण साइड रे थिबो जो प्रॉपर्टी आपण देबी कहथिबे न देथिबे ताकर भूल गुड आइला पैसा
दो प्रॉपर्टी नहीं से कहले जे रास्ता नहीं एबे तो हमें देई के ताको सेल सर्टिफिकेट भी इशू कर देलो
सर सेते बेलर कथा पड़ी जी सेते बेले जेते आपनकर ये माने ऑब्जेक्शन कले जे रास्ता नाही सेठी सेते बेले आपण से पैसा फेरे देतांदे आपण के आपनकर भूल साइड थिबा आपण के पैसा रखि देबे
रास्ता नाही जोटा बोल कोछन सेटा भूल बोली कोछन सर
भूल केमदी
Today, my lord, may I submit? If today bank is ready to provide the road, I am ready to.
Already sold it and that person has not made any.
कोड आनिबे खाइकरी जिन्न आइकरी खडे पळेलानी आपण रेडी अब कोड आसबो can the clock
Therefore I am not interested on that because for to entering into that will entering into a gray area.
Actually your grievance about the road is correct or not केमती को बेसिस आपण कहउछथि
We have submitted the representation. We have annexed to the representation.
बेले कोन आपण किछि भी लिखि देबे
अपन
डॉक्यूमेंट कोड बेसिस रे आपण कहली जे रास्ताटा मझे जाईछि बोली
रास्ताटा नाही बोली रास्ता नाही बोली हमें मागिथिलु जो एठू तो रेकॉर्ड रूम रू सेठू जान सेटा नाही दे परिबो मते टाइम प्रोवाइड करी दे देबो
but it's rule
सर सुनंतु जदि आपनकर डिफेक्ट अछि you cannot forfeit the amount you have to return back the amount
that is correct man that I don't dispute but हमर डिफेक्ट नाही सेतमे तो कहली जदि से किछ कहउछंती that will
आनंद
मु देखि दे
be decided by tier 2
आपण आनंद से नक्शा आनंद नक्शा जणा पड़ी जवन रास्ता अछि ना नहीं
yes
आनंद नक्शा
से आनंद मु भी दे देबी जरो डिटेल ता दे
ओके लर्न कॉन्सेप्ट पिटिशनर 6 1 10 to produce the road the area map where the property in question is located and the provision for road was not available then this is the matter 13 next
item 72
13
oblige
72
my lord I am for the opposite party. My lord, Metro was taken up Lok Adalat. The twice he didn't appear even in Lok Adalat. OTS was settled, but didn't pay the OTS amount and filed this application for extension of time in way back 20.
No non-appears for the petitioner. It has been seen that the petitioner has repeatedly not appeared before neither before the Lok Adalat nor in the court.
Yes.
Accordingly, the petition is disposed of. Accordingly, it seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Accordingly, dispose of and dismiss not dispose of.
My lord, my presence may be noted. I am for the bank.
Okay, Mr. Counsel for the bank. Yeah, for Mr.
SK Das.
SK Das for the bank. Next.
Item number 73.
73. Nandi, see. Non-APS, though he has taken 2 weeks time earlier. There's a last chance. 1 week time may be granted to the petitioner. List the matter on 6th. Next.
74.
74.
74, my lord. On behalf of Mr. G.P. Datta, my lord, I pray 4 weeks time to file the counter, my lord.
Okay, 4 weeks time. List the matter on 5th March.
75.
75.
pass over.
75.
Pass over means he was applied for the bank for settlement.
Okay.
It was declined. Amount was low because 6,50,000 against 8 lakh some odd. Then the petitioner may approach with the detailed application so that bank may will consider and in a
The
communication.
petitioner is directed to approach the bank with a reasonable
amount
for settlement of the loan dues. If the amount is, and the bank shall consider in accordance with the law. Within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the proposal. Hello?
As per the prevailing policy.
Of course. As per law, policy academy.
Published.
Next.
Item 76.
76, I pray for password.
Passover. Okay, Passover. Next.
77.
77.
Opposite petition.
77, I pray for the password matter.
Passover.
After lunch.
Okay, Passover. Passover. Anything can file. I want to say
Copies of
Person, no? ठीक है. Next.
Item 79.
79.
Then I'm for the petitioner only. Other side, yes.
Not there.
I'm for the opposite party. In course of the day, I'm filing counter affidavit for OP5. For others, 2 to 3 days time is required since the daughter of some OP.
So I'm granting 2 weeks time. Okay, learn concept of the opposition party. 2 weeks time to file the counter. This is the matter on 22nd.
Okay.
Next.
Item number 80.
80. Non-APS. Non-APS list the matter on 21st February. Next.
Item 81.
81.
At 81, she is not eligible to get the benefit she is claiming. Because on
What is the matter about?
But she is claiming kindly, she annexed A.
What is the issue?
Issue was the husband of the applicant died when he was in service.
Where was he working?
He applied for.
Where was working? Where was he working?
The Bank of India.
You have for Bank of India.
Bank of India.
So he died then?
Not entitled. She filed an application for payment of ex gratia.
How did he die? How did he die? Kimti Mala.
While he was in service, he died.
ठीक है सर केमती मला जाने दरकार ना एक्स ग्रेसिया पाइबो न पाइबो से डिसाइड करे आप
ना पाइबो न पाइबो एटा गुटे अन्य कन्सिडरेशन बैंक रो
ला आपण कोन तो मिनिमम कथा केमती मला तो कोन तू आपण डिटेल दे गया सर आई एम गिविंग अनदर डेट 15 concept of the petition to find out about the आपण ठीक है बुझी ठीक बट बुझी आसी पद ऑफिसर बुझला पुराना मैटर तो आपण माने नथियो रेको बुझी दे ठीक
किमिति
that will help actually whether to get or not
not the सेटा रिक्वायरमेंट तार नो
मु तो भाबु जे रिक्वायरमेंट आपण कहीं भाई लई जबना भाबे की भाबिले हबो मु भाबी जोटा हबो ना आपण भाबिले हबो
ना आपण भाबिले हबो जे
तो रिक्वायरमेंट दरकार म जानि भी नै गुटे केमति लोक मरछि से जानि दरकार न
the claimant let the claimant file the
claimant को केते आपण आनंत ना मु तार पास करी ऑर्डर आपण आनंत କେମିତି ମରିଛି ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା ତାପରେ
I may pardon my lord. Item 4 ଟା pass କରି
କୋଉଟା
4 item
ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 82.
82
I may pardon my lord, item number 80 will pray for password.
କୋଉଟା
Item number 80.
ହଁ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କଲେ କଣ ହେଲା ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଆସିବ ନା ଏବେ ଆସିବ
ସେଟା non appearance
ନନ୍ ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ ହେଇଥିଲା କେହି ନଥିଲି
So password.
21 ଫେବୃଆରୀ କି ଯାଇଛି
After lunch.
ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କରିନଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
I am praying for password.
ଆଉ 21 ଫେବୃଆରୀ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ
My lord, I may pardon to mention, madam, 68 item ta non-appearance ହେଇଯାଇଛି
68
68
କେବେ ହେଇଛି
accident late
5th of February.
5th ଫେବୃଆରୀ
non-appearance.
ତା ନାଁ ଲେଖ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 82.
82 82 ନାଇଁ କି
Last time non appearance.
non appears today also no she there password 82 ନାଇଁ କି
No.
এটা কোডা
It 82.
non appears
Last time non appearance.
not like this today also no next
83.
83
After launch.
after lunch ଏବେ ଆରୁ କରିବେନି ଖାଇଲା ପରେ
May I pray one thing, my lord? Item 75. 75, my lord. So I was in the another court, my lord. I could not reach my lord.
75
That's 75. I am ready to pay. I have already talked to the bank.
ready to pay पे ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
But I have talked to.
ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରିବେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯାହା ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବ ମୁଁ କିଛି
Madam, sir, Lordship, can you take up after
ନାହିଁ
lunch?
ସାର୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ରିଜନେବଲ ଅଫର ଦେଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କନସିଡର କରିବେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାଉନସିଲ ଏବେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
Well, I have.
Aravind Mahan.
ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ମହାନ୍ତି
Kindly taken up after lunch. I have talked
କିଛି
to.
ନାହିଁ ମୋର କିଛି କରିବାର ନାହିଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର ମ୍ୟାଟର ମୁଁ କିଛି ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପୁରେଇବିନି ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ଦେବେ ପଇସା ଦେବେନି ଆଉ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟ କଣ କରିବ କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି
I have already repeatedly approached.
ରିପିଟେଡ ଏବେ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରିବେ ଆପଣ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେବେ ତ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ
No, I have.
amount
I am ready to pay 8 lakhs.
No.
Only the installment only I have. Only installment. I have to sold my property and that's why I am praying.
ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
Yes, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
73
I have seen 68 is running when I am rushing.
6 ना लिख दिया ऐसा करो नेक्स्ट
Item number 84.
84
Item 84.
अच्छा करो सी अपोजिट पार्टी काउंसिल डाकी दियो
Yes, my lord.
नॉन एपीएस सैम नेक्स्ट
82 pass over.
84 लग लो
84 non appearance.
85
85. 85.
In this case. the
85
Yes.
Yes.
In this case, the petitioner has paid for their compensation. They are affected in 1991 Kuwait war. The government, the
Kuwait war.
Yes.
Kuwait war रे कौन हला
Kuwait war से Kuwait रे काम करते जो तांगर war हला 1991 रे. से displaced हले तापरे the committee has formed a policy and decided to give the compensation accordingly.
Who committee form हिचला? Where is the committee form?
That is Annexure 1 page 15. United Nations Compensation Commission Governing Council.
Can this court direct the United Nations?
Central government. They have given to the money to central government. Central government will disburse the amount.
Where is that? Where is this committee?
Annexure 1 page 15. Decision concerning the first installment claims of the departure from Iraq or Kuwait taken by the Governing Council of United Nations Compensation Commission in the 46th meeting held on 20th October 94 in Geneva.
Let's the Union of the Union of India. Mr. Padi, like give a copy, I would a copy the
Right.
Okay, run a counsel for the petitioner to serve a copy of the writ petition on Mr. Padi, the learned deputy and list the matter on 27. Put a copy the
Right.
We'll see that.
Right.
Okay. After lunch. କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆଗରୁ ଦୁଇଥର ବି ଆସିନଥିବେ ଯୋଉଥିରେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ନନ୍ ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ ଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଜଣେ ଡିସମିସ୍ ମୁଁ କେବେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରେନି
yes man ମାନେ this case is my senior name is there man
ସିନିୟର ଜୁନିୟର ନେମ୍ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ବଦର ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ଡିସମିସ୍ ଆଗ ଥର ବି ନଥିଲେ ଏଥର ବି ନଥିଲେ ତା ମଝିରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନଥିଲେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ନଥିଲେ କଣ କରିବି
yes yes man ହେଲେ କାଲିକି ଟିକେ ଆସୁ ନହେଲେ କାଲିକି ଆସୁ ମାନେ କାଲିକି ଟିକେ ଆସୁ
2013 ମ୍ୟାଟର
yes man
ଆଉ 2013 ମ୍ୟାଟର ଧରିକି ବସିଥିବି
ମାନେ my senior is going to doctor
ସିନିୟର ଫିନିୟର କହନ୍ତୁନି ମତେ ନିଜେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ତମେ କଣ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଅଛ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିପାରିବନି
yes yes
ଆଉ କାଇଁ ସିନିୟର ସିନିୟର କରୁଛ
sorry
ଆଉ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବ କଣ ସିନିୟର
tomorrow
opportunity for you to argue
yes tomorrow ଆସୁ
ସିନିୟର ସିନିୟର
କାଲି ମାଡା ମାନେ କାଲି
କର
obliged
tomorrow you will argue don't say about senior senior କଣ ଏଟା ରକେଟ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଏଟା ସିନିୟର ହେଲେ ଯେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ହବ ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିପାରିବେନି
ନା ଫାଇଲ also in my hand
ଫାଇଲ ଦରକାର ଦେଇ ଦିଅ ଫାଇଲ ଦିଅ
ନା ମାନେ
ଅଛି ନହେଲେ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି ଦେଇଦେବୁ
କାଲି obliged
Yes.
Item 15.
15 yes
Today I received a case diary. For the informant violence.
What is the matter about?
Advance matter that IIC allegation against IIC to let fire against two persons died.
Sorry, again.
2% died while the police had gone to the house of the accused person to arrest them.
2% died.
Yeah.
They lit fire.
By pouring kerosene. Whether the police had poured the kerosene or whether they themselves let it out subject.
Okay.
Crime branch submitted last week on 304 part 2.
Crime branch, what is the crime branch? The police poured.
Yes.
The police poured in the kerosene or
the family member.
ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ଜଣେ କହୁଛି ଆମ ମଝିରେ ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ତ ମିନିମମ୍ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଚେୟାର ଅଛି ନା ବସନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ କହୁଛି ଲେଟ୍ ଇନ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ମଝିରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଜେକ୍ଟ କରିବେ ୟେସ୍
The crime branch submitted charge sheet against the IAC concern IAC on 304 part 2.
Okay.
What the trial court now to covering same charge on the 302 and 304 part.
Okay.
That's on the case.
Now who has come in this
The police inspector who is accused in this case.
he's serving or he has been suspended ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲି ମୁଁ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲି ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କହିବେନି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ପୋକ୍ସ ପର୍ସନ କି ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବି ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଦି ସ୍ପୋକ୍ସ ପର୍ସନ ଅଫ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମୁନ୍ he will answer this yes
That person does not have any. Case of year 2012.
that I know what is the status of the trial
Charge frame. That is under challenge before yours in this division.
stay is granted stay granted Day nine.
Granted.
Huh?
The last occasion was your lordship also from my files. Yes. Page 47 is the.
no no 2012 ରୁ ହେଇଛି ଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର କ୍ଲୋଜ କାହିଁ ହେଇନି
Subsequently, it was transferred to crime branch.
ଯାହା ହେଲା କ୍ରାଇମ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ କୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟେ 2012 ମ୍ୟାଟର 2024 ରହିଥିବ
12ଟା crime branch କୁ transfer.
12 ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟେ କ୍ରାଇମ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହଉ ଯାହା ହଉ ତମେ ରହିବ କେତେ ଜଣ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସାମ କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ହାଁ
Earlier petitioner approved this honorable court
ତ ଏଇଠି ଷ୍ଟେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା କି?
in the year 2017, and that was disposed of in the year 2022.
ତ ଏପ୍ରୋଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟେ ନଥିଲା ତ there is no
State state High Court Division Criminal Miscase number 1938 of 2017.
no why there is 12 years
State ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ earlier whether he
12 years କାହିଁକି ଲାଗିବ matter
they has been granted or not. They didn't have to.
the inspector came earlier occasion also he
Yes,
came here
yes.
why he doesn't want to continue want the trial
That
to
was
continue
disposed of by this one.
no forget by this honorable dispose of kala no kala I am least bothered why does this man doesn't want the trial to continue trial continue କରିବାକୁ ଦଉନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏ ଲୋକଟା 12 ବର୍ଷରେ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆସି ଆସି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ 5 ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ପଡି ରହିବ ଆଉ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଫର नो ରିଜନ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ରିଭିଜନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ଆଉ ସେଟା ତଳ ଷ୍ଟେ ଦେଖ ट्रायल कोर्ट ट्रायल कोर्ट में पठे दूची ट्रायल कोर्ट टू कंप्लीट द ट्रायल विद इन 3 months from today regular day to day करी
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner. We are challenging the.
Whatever you challenge, I am sending back to the trial court. Trial court would conclude the trial within 3 months.
Your Lordship, here the case is the charge has been framed under section 4.
I am not section action छाड़ा दुनो मु कोजी trial जल्दी complete कहीं 12 वर्ष कहीं अबनी trial complete. I am asking that question. You are again coming to the High Court. Matter is unnecessarily being dragged from 2012 to 2024.
Yes, I understand, Your Lordship.
No, what understand?
Because
you don't understand anything.
Sir, Your Lordship, because the police has gone for the fact of the case is police has gone to execute the non-bailable.
I am least bothered about all these things. Simply, I am remitting it back, and the trial be completed within 3 months.
It is a case of self-immolation.
Whatever. जोड़ा दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा बोले ट्रायल तो हेले जाना पड़िबा आपण निजे निजे डिसाइड कर देबे आसी कोर्ट को पळेबे बैक फोर्थ कर 12 वर्ष टा लागो ट्रायल
Your Lordship, the trial has been fixed. Your Lordship, the trial has been fixed to
trial court.
Your Lordship, trial court date has been fixed to 16th February.
16th February चालू
Your Lordship, any date before
एटा आपण कोन पे आसे देटी
challenging the order of framing the of charges.
काहे की कोन पे चैलेंज करिवे
We are challenging because they are alleging that we have poured the kerosene over them.
And you have a trial. Let the trial will decide. Trial court will decide. Every time you are stopping the trial, who have given you the power to stop the trial every time? Every time court को पड़े उसे सीधा सीधा. किसी सुना बने. आउ आसी पर नहीं. पूरा डिटेल रहा. कोर्ट को मजाक बना रखी थी. ट्रायल को डाला पड़े उसे नहीं बैठी. कहीं इंस्पेक्टर लेकर बड़ा लोग कहीं गला.
No, Your Lordship. In one Lordship in 161 statement.
किसी तुम्हारा किसी करी ना तो why are you afraid? You'll be.
No, Lordship. But after investigation in 161 statement.
This criminal revision challenges the order dated 17/11/2023 passed by the.
Your Lordship, kindly this matter.
Move order dictated don't disturb me.
I apologize.
Revision challenges order dated 17/11/2023 passed by the learned first additional session judge Baleswar in ST case number 327 of 2016. Framing the charges under section 304 part 2 and 302 of IPC against the petitioner. The petitioner challenged the said order of framing charges against the petitioner as perverse, and hence he has filed the criminal revision for setting aside the same. Next paragraph. The petitioner was ISIS. Paragraph allegation it is pertinent to mention that the petitioner has also earlier approached this court by CRLMC. CRLMC number
1938.
1938 of 2017, which was disposed of on
22nd December 2021. 1st of February 2022.
1st February 2022 by this court. By setting aside the order dated 22/2017 passed by the learned session judge Baleswar in ST number 327 of 2016 and directing the learned trial court to go through the material on record afresh for the purpose of framing of charge after providing the opportunity of hearing to the parties concerned and thereafter to pass appropriate order in accordance with the law in the light of the observation made in said order. Welcome. In the meantime, the case was transferred to In the meantime, the case was transferred to the Court of First Additional Session Judge Baleswar. The First Additional Session Judge Baleswar, after hearing the petition for discharge, rejected the same by order dated 29/3/2003. You are challenging here.
Yes, Lord.
29/3/2023 order you are challenging here, right?
Yes, Lord.
23 of the in view of the observation made by this court in para 10 of CRLMC number 1938. Rejected the same by video order dated 29/3/2023. Why have you come here? What is the reason? What is the reason for the ground? I mean, what is the grounds for the coming here?
Your Lordship,
Since be that as it may, this court is of the view that since this is a case of burning of 2 persons, hence comes under the heinous category of crime. Full stop. And it deserves to be deserves to face a thorough trial to reach the truth. Also, in such view of the matter, this court is of the view that the petitioners should face the trial without unnecessarily obstructing the trial by filing criminal revision. Also, accordingly, let the matter be remitted back to the court. Additional
First additional session. First additional session, Judge Baleswar.
First additional session Judge Baleswar. And the matter be decided within a period of 4 months from today. कितने जना बाकी इसलिए पहले? Starting 6 months पहले. Let the trial be complete. Let the trial be completed within a period of 6 months from today. And it is made clear that the learned additional session Judge Baleswar shall not entertain unnecessary adjournment by any of the parties.
56 charge-sheeted.
यही था सारी बात 6 मास तक टाइम दिया सारी बराबर by any of the parties. Accordingly disposed.
Item 78.
Item 78.
Order may be communicated to court and court.
Yes.
78, that is the first item is mine, 33459. That matter they have not filed or served the counter affidavit to me in my case. That has.
You have filed the counter affidavit.
I have an objection to that effect. On last occasion, I have given in court, I have served the copy of
Yes, sir. Let it, yes.
I have served the copy of additional affidavit. In my additional affidavit, everything is clear. And on last occasion, in my
Let's see
presence,
the additional affidavit.
yes, my lord.
Reply
Sir,
file
ठीक है तो कौन लिखा है जो देखी ना तो रिप्लाई दरकार ला करिए ना कौन पे करिए अच्छा ठीक है
very voluminous.
सर तो रिप्लाई फाइल करो तो ताले अपन
What has happened, my lord, because of interim order, we are not we are unable to proceed with the recruitment process.
so do I want to do one thing.
You also may say that
I am giving you only 4 days time.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब टिक 2 weeks.
आओ 2 weeks पे नहीं सर नहीं अब आपण से सब कोन दुनिया
नहीं नहीं मु किछि मिछ कहूनी
आपण मिछ कहले मैं कहली anyway she has filed ତାଙ୍କର ତ ଅଛି lead matter ଆପଣ junior friend କାହା
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
If
they will not file reply, that
ଦରକାର ବି
is-
ନାହିଁ ସେଟା
କିଛି
ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ବି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ କଣ
Yes,
ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
Your Lordship,
ଏ matter will be solved unnecessary କାଇଁ drag କରିବ 2 ହପ୍ତା 3 ହପ୍ତା
ଟିକେ
କିଛି ଟିକେ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ
ସେ
ଆପଣ ଲମ୍ବାନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏତେ ଅଛି unnecessary କାଇଁ ପଢିକିରି ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେବେ କଣଟା ହେଇଯିବ
4 days time may be granted.
4 days ଟାଇମ ରେ କରିବେ କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ସିଧା ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି କୋଉଟା କରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ additional affidavit ଟା totally
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ matter ରେ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଥିରେ କଥା ହେଲା ସେଇ ଲୋକକୁ ରଖିବେ ନ ରଖିବେ ସେତିକି ତ କଥା ଆଉ ସେତିକିରେ ଆପଣ 2 weeks time 4 weeks time unnecessary ଲମ୍ବେଇ ଚାଲିଲେ କଣ ମିଳିବ
କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମେ SOP କରିଛୁ ଯୋଉ ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ ଲେଖା
4 days time ରେ already ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ interim order already ଲାଗିଛି they also want to finish it ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ମାନେ
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି
ଆପଣ କେତେ 4 ହପ୍ତା ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି interim କାଢି ଦେବେ
ଆର ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର
interim order ମୁଁ ହଟେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଯେତେ ଦିନ ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ନେଇଗଲେ interim order ହଟେଇବି
ମୋର ଟିକେ ଦେହଟା ଭଲ ନାହିଁ
ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁନି ମୁଁ interim order ଟା ହଟେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ
ଆର ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦୋଷ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସୁବିଧା ଦେଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ବୁଝିଲେ ହବ
ଆଉ ଟାଇମ ନେବିନି ନା
ନା ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ରଖିଲେ
ଆର ମଙ୍ଗଳବାରକୁ ଟିକେ ଦୟା କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କହିଲେ ମତେ କପି ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଦେଇଦେଲି
ଏଇ କମିଂ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କମିଂ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି କମିଂ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଆସୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କିନ୍ତୁ no further adjournment.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ ଦେବିନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ don't worry about that.
Your steno to secretary.
Please submit
I'm not going to. That did not be written. I know that. Okay. List the matter on Mangalwar कितने तारीख होती है? 5th, 6th होती, 6th राइट. हाला. In the meantime और फाइल जाकर रहते कर देंगे. आप कोई भी नहीं आओ मेरे वॉल्यूम एत्ती की पढ़िया पढ़ुची कोई भी.
नहीं 2 PM.
2 PM yes.
बार भीतर भी हम कॉपी का दे देबे दरकार नहीं जब से कोड
कॉपी दे ना ना आगुरु कले आपण देखिबे ना से आपण मंडे सुधा कॉपी दे देबे
आगे
फाइल करी तांको दे देबे हला
Intimated to be continued.
इंटरव्यू टू कंटिन्यू टू till Tuesday आगुरु
I oblige by that.
we'll see find out some way I am trying to help you out you are not ready to help
we are also trying to
no आपण मुझे लागुनी से
नहीं
मते निजे चाहू छु केंद्र गोटे भाई मीडिया बाहर गोटे ये हो
आगे
गोटे लोक काम करछि एते वर्ष तार बेनिफिट तार सर्विस बेनिफिट नो स्टेट सेटा मु चाहू छी
we are very much obliged
no need to oblige sir
नहीं आरो मंगलवार सारी दवा सर
oblige to your people who have done some work for the state yes next
Passover matter item number 2
PM. That 2 PM.
We are for opinion number 4 nursing appearance of union noted.
आपण सब कंफ्यूज आपण क्रिएट करछन सब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सब बड़ा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करछ
हमें क्लैरिटी दउछ हमन ताको मिसइंटरप्रेट
ए
करछ
सब रो मूल सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट आपण सब गड़बड़ सेटु करछन
प्रथम जो चाइल्ड लाइन केयर थिला सेटा इट इज स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय डिफरेंट सोर्स नाउ इट इज क्लैरिफाइड
किसी नहीं जिनसे तो केडे स्मूथ चलथला सब ठीक थला सब बढ़िया
ठीक नथिला आज्ञा
हां ठीक
सेति बाय पर रेक्टिफाई करा
आहुरी ठीक नहीं एबे जो सिस्टम रे आहुरी ठीक नहीं देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स लॉट्स ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स
व्हाई दिस ओल्ड पीपल आर नॉट लिविंग दिस प्लेसेस दिस इज द ओल्ड प्रॉब्लम
because of inexperienced people you have put in there
inexperience it is not a question of experience
no manpower
those people sir
officer
सर कौन कि वर्तमान एनजीओ ना रे जो चली थिले रैंपन
नहीं सर
दैट वाज स्टॉप
कोन
जो रे एनजीओ ना रे जो चलते रैंपन दैट वाज स्टॉप
जंदी सब बंद गेला एनजीओ ना रे
सब बंद होनी केबे असंभव
सबुडी हो गया एबे मैन पावर ना रे चलेबे नेक्स्ट
Passover matter item number 2
मिस्टर पाड़ी आउटे से मैटर कोन गोटे पड़े यू I am aware of that.
E and F. This Passport Act is very clear. If anybody has any criminal case, they have to take in clearance from the authority. Suppose
that's
there
why
is
I'm
pending.
saying, that's why I'm saying. So appearance mu ta clear karibi. Ja ne passport ne bare kon asida.
In that respect, Justice Vishwanath passed an order.
I will pass a different order.
My lord, I'm just clarifying. Then what happened? After that order, we are issuing the passport.
Okay.
Then in the meantime, government decided to challenge the same order. We have come to the High Court. So writ appeal. Writ appeal, court said that
this is not, this order cannot be binding as a must and it was recalled.
I'll pass this.
Then again, Justice K.R. Mahapatra passed another order clarifying the position that in cited upon this Supreme Court judgment of a criminal appeal. In that appeal, this Supreme Court said that for a 1 year conviction, passport authority cannot stand on the way for issuing the passport.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି I'll pass a different order କହୁଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ conviction ହିଁ ହେଇନି କେତେ କେସ୍ ଟା pending ଅଛି case pending ଥିଲା can you stop that is the question.
We can stop basing on the section
Depend upon the what kind of crime he has committed. हाँ ଆପଣ terrorism act टाड़ा matter पटा କାରଣ ସେଥିରେ କରିପାରିବେ.
नहीं सीधा सर मैं आपको क्लैरिफाई कर रहा हूं
छोटा कोडी उडे फर्जी कम कोन
let them serve a copy. I will give this details in कोटा कॉपी
सेही केस गुडा करे थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट ए केस रे थिंग्स तानारे केवल केस टा फाइल जी पेंडिंग अछि तेनु दिया होना नाही आई एम श्योर पेंडिंग पेंडिंग रे नेता जदी इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करि पर जी पासपोर्ट के पाइ
नॉट ओनली पेंडिंग से माने स्टैट्यूट सेस कहूची जे जदि केस ऑन द स्टेज ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन suppose court permitted, suppose court below has permitted that yes there is no bar on the part of the authority to issue the passport, we don't have any.
I'm permitting I'm permitting this is a simple case you can't just stop issuing passports.
Next against that they come
आपण दे दे कॉपी दे देंतु
से 99 गुडे सर्कुलर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आनी
we'll see that
सेथिरे हां से कॉपी दे दियंतु मु आई विल
next
केबे आसीस
एटा केस लागी
केबे डेट देनी आज
20th शॉर्ट डे पर आपण एते चाइना जिबा पे एते केम तळ पर होचती कोन करियो चाइना रे आउट बेमार धरि के आसीबे ठीकु चाइना जिवल दियोनी मना कर दे चाइना जिबा जना डोंट अलाउ हिम टू गो टू चाइना आउट बेमार धरि के आसी स्टेट को डोंट अलाउ तार तो देबी नहीं यूएस पे जाते दे थांदे चाइना डेंजर
आज के केते 2
और दे 20 था नेक्स्ट
item number 4
2 my lord copy sir one
4 my lord
next
my lord item 4 petitioner challenge the action of the opposite in not
item 2 lordship fixing which date I will make a communication to the department 20th
challenge the action of the opposite party in not opening the banking outlet at GP headquarter my lord
sorry
banking outlet as per the banking outlet in the on-bank Gram Panchayat at GP headquarters.
Banking outlet mean what do you mean by banking outlet? But that's the kiosk. Banking kiosk.
My lord.
क्या कहूँ तो?
My lord. As per circular annexure 1, my lord. Page.
एडे कितना बड़ा?
9. Item 4.
Oh 4. है ना? 104 लिखी. Sorry sir.
Circular टा अच्छी annexure 1 page 9 में. Relevant portion of 10 page 10 में पढ़ दो. Therefore, anticipating fund provision for 1246 number of GPs from the department, you are requested to select suitable site in a safe location.
अरे किए select करे?
एटा होची
select किए करे?
एटा देइछन to issue the all collector. एटा circular टा issue होला.
सर जो select करतुबे के कोटे कमिटी टा बसिक विचार करतुबे ना ए कोडी हवा कोडी न हवा
एटा
कोई जगह सुटेबल कोडा सुटेबल ना
एटा कलेक्टर कम सीओ जिला परिषद ऑल सीडीओस कम ईओ जिला परिषद ए माने
अरे सर सेटा म कहनी
आगे
who are the people who form the committee and decide the case
nodal officer
of the concerned nationalized bank for the earmarked district as per proceeding of finance so and so will make field visit in the month so and so for verification of the selected
nodal officer report दबो district authority को
हां सेटा ताका हेडक्वार्टर हबा कथा से किंतु गोटा माने वीडियो तार कन्वेंस रे से अलग अलग गां रे करू
स्कीम टा देखंतु ठीक
माय लॉर्ड माय
से स्कीम टा देखबे कोन
है annexure 1 माय लॉर्ड पेज 9
bank party को
सुना एटा यूनियन बैंक होतो
एटा होची पंचायती राज विभाग
ओके
copy union bank
what a annexure ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ representation ଟେ ଦେଇଛୁ ସେଇଟା that
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ଧନ୍ଦା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ବେପାର ଏଠି ବନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛୁ ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇଗଲା ଆପଣ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଗଲେନି ସେଠିକି ମୁଁ ତ ଏଠି ଫାଇନାଲ ଡିସାଇଡ କଲା ତାପରେ ବାହାରିଲେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଲି ଏଠି ସଲ୍ଭ ହେଇଯିବ 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେବେ ବସିଥିବେ ମାସ 3 ମାସ ୱେଟ୍ କରିଥିବେ ସେଠି yours is unbanked GP
my lord
प्रति ग्राम पंचायत रे बसिया पे स्कीम अछि सर
ଆଜ୍ଞା
को बैंक रे नोडल ऑफिसर को बैंक
ଏଇଟା ଆମର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ୟୁନିୟନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
यूनियन बैंक यूनियन बैंक अछंती कि मिस्टर टुना साहू नहीं से डियाटी रे बसती এটা তো ছোট জায়গাটা দরকার it requires a small place like ATM to আটকে বড়
ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହବା କଥା ଯୋଉଟା ସେ ପ୍ଲେସ ରେ ଯୋଉଠି କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ସୁବିଧା
GP headquarter
GP headquarter ସିଏ
Odisha total there are 1246 number of unbanked GP but space is not available in the building for the functioning of banking outlets for which government is taking steps to creation of banking infrastructure like brick and mortar buildings to be constructed the new model plan design so and so on so ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏରେ ଅଛି ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
ସେ ଅଛି ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଆମ ଜିପି ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ବରପଦା ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ
କୋଉଠି ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ମାନେ କଣ ମାନେ ଜାଗା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
ଜାଗା ଅଛି
କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି
ନା ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ ଅଛି
ଜାଗା ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଘର ଲୋକଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଜାଗା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଲୋକ ରାଜି ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କର ଜାଗା ଦେବାରେ ବାହାରନ୍ତିନି ଲୋକ ଖାଲି ବଡ କଥା କହିଲେ କଣ ହବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ କହୁଛି ସରକାର କହୁଛି 1246ଟା ଗାଁରେ ଏ ଯାଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ନେ ସେଠି ଜାଗାରେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବନେଇବ ସେଠି ଜାଗା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଗା ନେଇକିରି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଫିର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ନା ବାହାରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ହଁ ସବୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇଦେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ କହିପାରିବେ ସବୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Learned concept state to verify as to whether there is a feasibility of the banking outlet in the co village
ବରପଦା
Barpada
ଆଜ୍ଞା
co district
ସେ ଯାଜପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
Barpada Gram Panchayat
ବରପଦା ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ
under which block
ଏଟା ବରପଦା ବ୍ଲକ ର ଭିଲେଜ ବରପଦା
village Barpada block
ଆଜ୍ଞା
block B
ଆଜ୍ଞା
block headquarter banking bank नहीं ये नहीं
ନା
होगा
ନାହିଁ
କେମିତି ବ୍ଲକ
ନା ନା ବରଚଣା ବ୍ଲକ
ବରଚଣା ବରପଦା କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ବରପଦା ବ୍ଲକ କି ବରଚଣା ବ୍ଲକ
ବରଚଣା ବ୍ଲକ
ହଁ ବରପଦା ଭିଲେଜ ଅଣ୍ଡର ବରଚଣା ବ୍ଲକ କହିବେ ତ ସିଧା କଥା ଏତେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି okay and the let them get the instruction ହେଲା and bank ପାଇଁ copy ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ a copy of the writ petition be served on Mr. Tuna Sahu ହଁ ଆଉ କିଏ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ବି ୟୁନିୟନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଛନ୍ତି ୟୁନିୟନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆପଣ ୟୁନିୟନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ତ ଦେଖା ଯାଆନ୍ତିନି
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି
ହଉ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଦେଇଦ
ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ମହାନ୍ତି
ମିଷ୍ଟର ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ମହାନ୍ତି who is the APS for ୟୁନିୟନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଥାନ୍ତି ନା ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟରେ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ he will be available ଆସି ତ ଭର୍ଚୁଆଲ ମୋଡରେ ଥିବେ ସେଠି ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଲି ଆପଣ ରହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେବି ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆଞ୍ଚଳିକ ଗ୍ରାମ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ shall also take instruction in the matter list the matter on 19 ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଠି ହବ ଆଉ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଚକ୍କରରେ ପଡନ୍ତୁନି ଏଠି କିଛି ହୁଏନି ପକେଇଦେବେ ଗଲା 2 ମାସ ପରେ ଫେର ଆଉଥରେ ବୁଲି ବୁଲିକି ଆସିବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
item 75
May I please your lordship? Yes, I am to the petitioner. Yes, I have availed the loan of rupees 8 lakhs mortgage loan and I have already paid not less than 5 lakhs.
Chandu, କେତେ
now
come to the point କେତେ ନେଇଥିଲେ
8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଲୋନ ଆଣିଥିଲି 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଇଛି
କେବେ ନେଇଥିଲେ
2017
ଆପଣ 8 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ପେ କରିଛନ୍ତି କେତେ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ସାର୍?
Nowadays, 11 lakhs some odd.
11 with interest and all that.
with interest ସେ calculation 8 ଲକ୍ଷ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ 25,000 ଟଙ୍କାର ନୋଟିସ ଆସିଛି ଏବଂ ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ କାଲକୁଲେସନ କରି କହୁଛି ମୁଁ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ 25,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଯେତିକି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଟା ଦବାକୁ ରାଜି ଅଛି ଖାଲି ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା କରିଦେଲେ ଜାଗା ବିକି ଦେଇଦେବି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ମାଇ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଏଇଟା ହାଉସ ବିଲ୍ଡ ଘରଟା ବନ୍ଧା ପଡିଯାଇଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କନସିଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଆପଣ ତ ନେଲେଣି 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆଉ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଉ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ବି ଦେଇଦେବି
କେତେ ଆପଣ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ୟାଙ୍କ ପଛରେ କେତେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବେ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଚୁପଚାପ
Let him file with that representation with that amount so that bank will consider.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଟୋଟାଲ କେତେ
8 ଲକ୍ଷ 25,000 ଟଙ୍କା କ୍ଲେମ୍
ଆପଣ
କରିଛି
ଟୋଟାଲ କେତେ ଅଛି
11 lakhs some odd. Unlimited interest ଛାଡ଼ିକି 8 ଲକ୍ଷ 25. Unlimited interest means 11 ଲକ୍ଷ something ଅଛି।
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଛୋଟ ଲୋକମାନେ ଛୋଟ ବଡ ବଡ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବଡ ଲୋକ ଛୋଟ ବଡ ବଡ ତ ଛାଡି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବଡ ବଡ କମ୍ପାନୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଛୋଟ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ରେଡି ଅଛି ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
8 ଲକ୍ଷ 25 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କେତେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ
3ଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ 3 lakhs ଦେବି ଫେବୃଆରୀ ଭିତରେ
କେବେ
3 lakhs ଟା ଫେବୃଆରୀ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଦେବି ଆଉ ଦିଟା 3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଇଦେବି
କେବେ
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏପ୍ରିଲ
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଏଣ୍ଡ ତକ ଦେଇଦେବି ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଏଣ୍ଡ ତକ ଖାତା କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେବ ନା ପୁଣି ଆକୁ ଗଲେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଖାତା
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଆଣ୍ଡ
ଓକେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
ସେତିକି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ I will take instruction otherwise it will be
okay let me take instruction and consider the petitioners submit that is ready and willing to pay the balance amount of the loan by
8 ଲକ୍ଷ 25 में भी record है
8,25,000
yes ma'am
by the end of March by March 31st now to consider the bank to take instruction whether it is acceptable to the bank or not by March 31st of दुईटा installment तक कर by 3 installment by March क्या आगे लिखिए आगे सब by 3 installment let him take instruction
yes
Monday
6th
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ସରି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଖତମ ହେବା ଦରକାର ଏଇ ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଧରିକି ଗୋଡ଼େଇଦେବେ ତାପରେ କେସ୍ କରିବେ ସେମିତି କଲେ କିଛି ଫାଇଦା ହବନି ଅନନେସେସରି ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଲୁଜିଂ ଦେଉଛି ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଚୁପଚାପ
up to bank that we have no only
ହଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ଯେହେତୁ ରିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛୁ ଆମେ କାହାକୁ କହିବୁ ଆପଣ କହିବୁ ନା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା କହିବୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Item 76.
76
GT1 your lordship directed me to deposit the balance amount towards 40 years which I have deposited my
deposit
so now your lordship I let the bank decide within a reasonable time say within 3 or 4 weeks my OTS representation pursuant to which your lordship directed me to deposit that 10%.
Payment
has been received in the office. We are in the process.
And
There are some other formalities.
Mr. Panigrahi.
I'm for I'm for opposite partner 2 and 3.
Okay, 2 and 3 to take instruction regarding the OTS proposal given by the petitioner.
I have requested my lord to settle the account at 50 which principally we had agreed. So let
them
be
decide.
considered.
I'm not ଆପଣଙ୍କ application ଯାହା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ସେମାନେ decide କରନ୍ତୁ.
Let that be considered your lordship specifically unless your lordship direct that.
List the matter on 20th 20 days ଏଇ ଅଛି ନା 20 days you are getting.
Your lordship directed them to take a decision of this.
He'll take instruction.
The decision let the bank decide.
That is what instruction on what the decision of the
With
bank.
regards to my application your lordship.
That I have written. Next.
And interim order will continue.
Interim order continue to the next date. Next.
Item 77.
Now time.
One more week. One more week instead of 20th.
Acha.
27.
26. 26. Next.
Item 77.
77, my lord, here I have received a counter affidavit today. They also called the matter on 9th
9th.
In between, I'll file my rejoinder and on 9 for hearing. And if Lordship permit at 2 p.m. so that it can be closed.
9th ठीक है ठीक
9.
ठीक है 2 p.m. Next. Next.
Item number 80.
My lords, I'm virtual mode. I'm extremely sorry for not being present when the matter was called first. Actually, I had a flat tire in my car, so I couldn't come. My lords, I'm seeking 2 weeks' time because the bank manager is yet to get the documents from DRT. In fact, he's sitting there today because their counsel was handling the matter was unwell and so could not move the appropriate memos. For 2 of the matters, my lords, that is my submission.
2017, I have closed the loan. Original application is withdrawn at the behest of the bank in 2017. Still then they are asking for.
time.
My lords, I'm trying my best that he's
Last
problem is
occasion, my
solved.
Lord and friend said.
Yes, I have taken time.
8 February. 8 February. Next.
Oblige, my lords.
Item number 83.
83.
Maybe.
82 much.
Oh, sir. Item number 82 টা tomorrow ହେଲା ba?
Kali rehla bra.
Lordship, can we take up this matter along with another criminal division is also?
Number ta diyan.
Like next week asle bala on the second division.
Next week.
Out a criminal, dita criminal division asle. Utte rahi jaise again.
ठीक 5th 6th कर देगा क्या 6th कर देवी
Sir, 82 ଟା ତାଙ୍କ matter ନୁହଁ ବୋଧେ।
हाँ, yes, my lord, in 82, I am appearing for the petitioner, madam.
Oh, ଅଛି last.
ठीक है।
Sorry, ठीक।
8th कर दिया 6 और 8 कर दिया okay next
Item 83. Item 83.
Well, I am the custom miller. I have a contract.
sorry sir what dealer
I am a custom miller. Custom miller. अरे राइस जो मिल
custom miller it is called custom miller
हाँ मिलर माने त मोर कॉर्पोरेशन सहित अछि आमे जो राई पैडी लिफ्ट करिवु एफसीआई की दबु आमे मिलिंग करिकी ताको दबु तो सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज कस्टम मिलर so that which I have done this
I have never heard this word that's why I know rice mill is fine
that's से କଷ୍ଟମରେ ସେଥିରେ କଣ ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ସେମାନେ ଆସିକି inspected my godown and they found some rice
ଆପଣ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ appear କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ସରି ଯାଆନ୍ତା ଏଟା ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ସବୁଥିରେ ଯାଇଛି କି ହେଇନି କିଛି
ସେ ଲୋକ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଟିକେ ରହିଛି ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଦେଲ ଆଡମିଟେଡ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଏଥିରେ ମୋର ମିଲ୍କି ସେ ଦେଖିକି ସେମାନେ ସିଜ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଯେ କିଛି ସର୍ଟେଜ ଅଫ ପ୍ୟାଡି ଅଛି ବୋଲି
ମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ମାନେ there is a like some guaranteed quantity you have to lift
ହଁ ନାଇଁ the quantities I have lifted the paddy from the mandi then I have to mill it and supply it to the FCI
correct
so in that they have found some shortage in my mill.
Shortage in what? In the procurement or supply?
Both. Everything is their property. I am only a miller, custom miller. I can just customize and put it to their destination. That is what my role is confined. So in that process, they found some shortage in my mill. So for that, they have seized my mill with a direction to the corporation will ship the paddy and the milled rice to another 2 millers. That is their contention. So they have without my knowledge they have shifted it. It's okay that I don't dispute. But they have kept it under seizure after the paddy and everything is shifted. They should have released my mill to me. So that they have not done. Then I came to before this. I have come to before this. Then with the direction from this court, after 2 years, the mill is now released to me. Though the corporate within that period, the lock and key, it is admitted fact. The lock and key of my mill was with the Civil Supply Corporation. So the
Puri ki
na eta hochi Kolahandy. ସେ ରଖିଦେଲା ଭିତରେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ମିଲ୍ ସବୁ ଜଳକି ଖାଇଗଲା କିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସେଥିରେ ଲୋକ ପଶିକି ଚୋରି ଚାରି କରି ସବୁ ନେଇଗଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫେରେଇଲେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ପାଇ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
That is why it should be compensated, the fault they have committed. To that they have answered. My lord, we will have a glance.
What is the answer they have given?
Answer what they have said that we have seized it and we have handed over you. And there is no answer why they made delay.
When did you seize and when did you hand it over?
The corporation has responded to the petition, my lords.
Corporation.
My
Who
lords,
is for the corporation?
Mr. E.K. Mishra, my lords.
Amya Mishra.
He's not there.
Online it's a DC Dhara.
Yes.
Yes, I am appearing for the
Corporation.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So when did you seize the material and when did you release that?
My lord, let it come any other date. I am not
No,
ready.
sir, you have to answer this. This every time. What is this? Let it come on any other day. You have to answer this question.
Yes, FIR has been lodged against the present applicant.
Forget the FIR. I am asking a question. When did you seize that and when did you release that? What is the time gap between the two?
I have not gone through the record. Let it come. I pray for.
This is the answer.
My lord, let it come tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
No, I will be outside. Today I will going. Next week.
Next week. Okay, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ written submission ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ. Everybody hand over a written submission of only 3, maximum 3 page. Don't go cross 3 page.
My lord, oblige.
Okay. So let it come. 12 bus. This is a small issue, sir. It can be resolved within 2 minutes. Why unnecessary time taking? ए पुराना मैटर टा 2016 रो मैटर 7 वर्ष हेलान मैटर पड़ी पेंडिंग अछि नेक्स्ट
item 87
It's item 87. Let's see, file was misplaced.
Misplaced.
Kindly taken after next week.
Kindly taken.
Kindly be taken after next week.
Kindly
be taken after next week.
Okay.
Let's see.
7th.
85 the token time.
Which one?
85, item 85, the external affairs.
FC or?
No, that is the external affairs ministry.
हाँ, पूरे बरा है ले.
27th.
27th.
Oh, 27th.
Appearance have note.
Let's see date.
Date. 7th.
7th.
Copy is all good.
Huh?
Petitioner copy solve करी.
कौन कौन जल्दी?
मैंने petitioner copy solve करी.
Opposite party.
अपना opposite party. Petitioner की?
Petitioner.
I thought you are the petitioner. तुम कोड खोजी जानी है अपन कॉपी दवा पे कोई ने यदि किसी एड्रेस टा देबे देखबे आप एनबीडब्ल्यूसी करियो के अपना जंदी
मिस्टर नायक
एबे तो थिले
हां ये बोधे ई मैटर मेंशन करी गले 82 बोली कहू मु सेट पे पछे
भारत में विश्वजीत नायक बोले थिले गोडा गोरा हेग्री हैंडसम लोकडा से पछे जाई के मागंती
से तांग पचारथला
जल्दी दौड़ंतु
से मना करथिले कि सेडा मोड में
हां
से मना गले मोड सेडा नहीं
मु का करी चले I can't hear the part.
I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Pratik Das. So kindly,
You're asking for time.
yes.
I would love to hear you. That's the time. Yes.
We need further instruction from the petitioner, so kindly grant
On behalf of the state, I should be. Let it go to some other bench. Let the matter be placed. This matter may go to some other bench. I can't hear this matter. I am appearing against this man long back in 2016 or 17, I remember. Next.
Item 89.
89.
This is relating to issuance of NBW and rejection of the thereafter the petitioner has filed a petition 138 NI case, my lord.
Sorry?
138 NI case, the 1cc case has been filed before the court below, and the petitioner is the accused in that case. And NBW has been issued against the accused petitioner, and the petitioner has filed a petition to recall the NBW and grant him to under section 205 CRPC, which has been rejected by the court below.
So you have.
I want to avail the same.
Okay.
A date may be fixed after 1 month so that in between some developments has been made because the complainant was arrested and the checks of mine, entire checkbook has been seized from him.
Oh, achha. So now he is inside custody.
No, he is released on bail. The complainant has released.
Today what do you want?
I want that NBW be stayed. I may be given chance to appear in that case and
You are appearing for opposite party. He is for the opposite party.
Opposite party. Mr. Mishra is appearing for the opposite party.
The petitioner is selling the criminal complaint with ICC number 18 of 2016 of the court of SDGM
Anandpur.
And taking the cognizance of offence under section 420 of IPC 1860
130.
along with section 138 of NI Act 1883. Therein, the order dated 38 issuing NBW against the accused petitioner along with order dated 39
38
in
2016
rejecting the
and-
petitioner of 205 of CRPC 973. Where is the order?
Order is 38 2016, page 16 is the NBW order, and the impugned order is 39 2016, page 18, and the operating part is page 19.
ଏତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ପଳେଇଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ନା ଦୁଇଟା ଅର୍ଡର ଏକା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ଆପଣ 16ଟା ଦେଖ
ଗଲେ ପଳେଇଲେ
16ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ page 16
annexer
annexer 2 page 16 last portion. As such, for the ends of justice, issue NBW arrest against the accused fixing to
there shall be miss case କରିଛନ୍ତି
miscase thila stay thila ଏଠି।
in the meantime there shall be for stay for the proceedings in ICC number 18 of 2016 of the court of Lands SDGM Anandpur until disposal of the original there will be during the times of the election. ତାପରେ second ହେଲା 69 ଟା କଣ ଟା stay the ignition NBW order dated 38 2016 under annexer 2 passed by the SDGM Anandpur in ICC case number 18 of 2016 till disposal of the revision petition. Vacation of stay କଣ ଗୋଟେ
ସେମାନେ ପକେଇଛନ୍ତି କପି ଦେଇନା
ଛାଡ କିଛି ଦଉନି ଏତିକି ଥାଉ this is the matter on 19
yes
19 yes. Next
Item 90. Item 90.
19 whatever non appears କଣ matter ଟା what is the matter about
Your discharge.
CST
Resist.
କଣ issue non appears this is the matter on 5th. Next
91.
91 same Gagawad ଅଛି କି non appears this matter
92.
92 92 same it's over
Item number 93.
92
Pass over man.
ଆଉ ପାସଓଭର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ସିଧା ଆଉ ପାସଓଭର ନାହିଁ
Pass over no ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି ଏବେ
କିଛି ଜାଣିନେ ତ କାଇଁ ଆସିନି ତାହେଲେ ଯଦି ଯିଏ ଜାଣିନଥିବ ସେ ଆସିବ ପାସଓଭର ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି सीधा adjourn कर दो है ना 8
16 cognizant रे चलेंगे हमको तो OP तो 16 cognizant रे चलेंगे in the stage of the trial.
What is the stage of the trial now?
7 years has been passed in the meantime.
What is the stage of the trial?
ଜାଣିନି ମାଲକ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ ପାଇଲି ମତେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ପାସ୍ ଓଭର କରିଦବ ମୁଁ ଆସିଲି
ଏବେ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଧରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଏନସିଓର କି କିଛି ଟାଇମ ଥିବ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ କଣ ଜାଣେ ଫାଇଲ ରେ କହିକି ଆସିବେ ଏମିତି ଫାଇଲ ଧରିଲେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ କାଳେ ବମ୍ ଥିବ ଯେ ତା ଭିତରେ ପାର୍ସଲ ବମ୍ ତାହେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ କାରଣ କିଏ ବି ଧରିଦେବ ଫାଇଲ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ କଣ ଅଛି କଣ ପଚାରିବିନି ଆଉ ହଉ
ଖାଲି ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ
8 next
94 ହଁ ଅଛି
94 entry model maybe he has come now he has come tell your associate to what is the case about he doesn't know anything getting a parcel bomb and come here
my lord next time he will do my lord
what is the issue
the order of cognizance is under challenge the petitioner before your lordship is the husband and the OP number 2 is the wife lord
he's the wife he's appearing for the wife
she instituted serial 3-4 cases the police filed final report stating that
go slow
all the cases against the husband are false ones thereafter again she lost this present case my lord
what is the case present case
the case is that my lord I have my lord taken away her gold ornament threatened her she belongs to SC/ST the police submitted charge sheet
you belong to
Christian she is also baptized that the police has stated in the charge sheet
both are baptized
no I am Christian she has been baptized born as a Christian married me thereafter my lord the police took out investigation and stated that offense under section 3 SC/ST and some offenses are not made out against the present petitioner page 31 the lordship may kindly see
93
page 9
31 and she also made an allegation that I am married elsewhere second marriage that is totally my lord false the police has categorically stated in the charge sheet during investigation the spot was visited complainant and other witnesses have been examined the complainant was medically examined and the injury report obtained
what are you challenging here
but the order of cognizance but this is also a totally false case the police told the half part of the case is totally false
you're the husband
I'm the husband.
You're the husband and she has filed complaint against you.
My lord.
What is the allegation?
Allegation is that I have threatened her, snatched away her gold chain, assaulted her by holding her hair. And I am married elsewhere.
Knife also.
Knife.
Holding the knife also.
Knife and
knife ଅଛି ନା knife ଟା ଛାଡିବୁ ତାପରେ
the police submitted charge sheet that she doesn't belong to SC/ST therefore SC/ST Act is not accepted and there is also no evidence regarding 494 my lord that I am married elsewhere these all allegations are false so my lord after 3-4 cases which are being turned false against this fourth case has been lost by her and both of us in a divorce proceeding my lord now that matter has been carried to the High Court also in a matter so in a matrimonial dispute my lord it has been given a criminal color without any rhyme or reason also my lord see
Mata what happened in that Mata
my lord the divorce proceeding has been rejected by learned family judge and appeal is now pending before this honorable court and my lord she also by showing me a laborer she obtained a false income certificate for my son for which she is also under ringing indictment in a criminal court under annexure 5 she is also my lord home guard in police department and I am a retired CRPF Jawan.
You're Jawan.
My lord.
Retired.
My lord.
Retired
voluntary retirement my lord.
What is the age of that person?
My age my lord. 48. Now my lord it was 17, 40. 54 my lord.
बुढ़ा बयस क्या झगड़ा लगे क्लाइंट कौन मिसिक रहतो
Her brother is an advocate there.
oh
गोटे पर केस 7-8
he is the villain brother is the villain Kans mama so what do you say
all these allegations raised by the council, may I pray that they should be raised at the time of filming the charge. There is no prima facie case made out, and the cognizance is taken by the charge sheet submitted by the police.
वाइफ हस्बैंड झगड़ा माटा फटा अब पड़े गले काहे फिर आउ गोटे केस लगे ता बिचारे दौड़ौछन छटा दैट मैटर
घर गुटे भी मालट किणी सेटा भी सिविल सुट हेची ये कहूची मो घर से गुटे मो घर सेति प्रेसर पकेबा क्रिमिनल केस इटा 5th क्रिमिनल केस 4टा फाइनल रिपोर्ट हे गला मालट एथे भी देयर अधा एलिगेशन टर्न डाउन बाय द पुलिस दैट नो
so I am also turning it down now I am turning it down फालतू रे केस एटा वाइफ हस्बैंड झगड़ा गुटे पर गुटे केस लड़ी लॉन्च करके चलते हैं
पूरा जाने 4-5 केस कोन से
ये छे काई
देखि जे मु डिटेल्स दे जे सर
I am also
नहीं बोली कहि देबे अपन
ए माटा जे लड़ा तो आ केते केस लड़ी केस लड़ी प्राइस जे केस सॉरी बनी के
डाइवर्स की करता दैट इज आल्सो नॉट आई एम
okay I'm allowing it don't approach
ना ऑफकोर्स तुम से करू जे एट द टाइम ऑफ फ्रेमिंग द चार्ज को यदि पार्ट ये आइडेंटिटी करछोंदी हाउ एंटायर प्रोसीडिंग विल बी कॉस्ट अबाउट द लैंड फ्रेंड सबमिटेड दैट पार्ट इज फॉल्स पार्ट इज genuine
that is
if
which part is it full total
that is why my submit that is by the police
if you are a baptized how SC/ST act will be attracted
SC/ST कॉपी नहीं है ना
SC/ST गला से पार्ट पड़ेला हला और रहला
494 सेटा भी गला that is not true खाली बाळ धरिली
354 टा अछि केवल
323 354 506 294 अछि तरा पार्ट जदी अछि
किसी ने खाली केस किसी नहीं सर अननेसेसरी काहे कारण
outraging
I am not inclined to this
ना तले काली के आसुन तो
आउ कालिया कोन आइबो किसी नहीं इधर काली भी से टाइप बजेबे
हां जे ये
सेम टाइप बजेबे
केस थिला आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द फैक्ट आई जस्ट गॉट the case belongs to Akshay Kumar South because he is passing adjournment. That is the reason I am pressing. Even if
okay, 5th आपन ଗୋଟେ chance दो है ना 5th रास but nothing in there, let me tell you case किछ नहीं
that is so if that is so well
भाई भजन एंती से चलते चलते
आ दीजन वाला पुलिस वाला that is also another problem. I am admitting
पुलिस वाला सीधे सीआरपीएफ बॉर्डर रे थिबो पुलिस वाला कांटा
that is the reason what my but submitted. I am not disputing if the brother of the opposite party is a lawyer and both are belongs to police person the multiple complexity arises
police person कांटा चलो let's keep like give me a short note both of you
Malad
3 page रे note दे
malad
there is treatment with case law if it is
malad obliged item 94
but my mind clear
ना ठीक है
I'm going to allow अगर कोई दूस
आपन जा माइंड तो हमें कोन किछ करि
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल आपन पास strong logic थिबो my logic can't be go beyond my mind can't go beyond your logic sometimes logic is very stronger you have a stronger logic I will definitely consider your views next
item number 94
Pardon to mention, my lord. I am on VC, my lord.
sir ebe jetala icha endala mention kar debe kenti hoba sir
I am sorry, extremely sorry. I beg apology for that, my lord. Item number 15. It was fixed to 2 p.m., my lord. I am seriously ill. I have come to Apollo Hospital, my lord. There, on the morning, I requested. Again, Thomas, it is a strong case of discharge on 300.
हाँ सर सुनतु मो कथा सुनतु मो किछि ऑर्डर एडवांस पास करिनी सेटा जाई जीव सेठी की से 6 मास भीतर ट्रायल सरीबो खत्म
आगे मो अगेंस्ट किछि केस नै काली की रोबो काली अपन
नाही काली मो कर साइलेनी है किछि न अननेसेसरी 12 वर्ष लग ट्रायल ते चलीथिबो केबे किछि खत्म हेबनी एम चलथिबो
आगे मु जाइतिलु वारंट एग्जीक्यूट
किछि नै अपन 6 मास भीतर ट्रायल सरीबो खत्म किछि नै नथिंग डू
नै आगे मते खाली काली गुटे दिन समय दिन जदि मो बुझि न परि
सर आपण आइले मु सेडा ही करबी मु किछि चेंज माइंड पर चेंज हेबो नाही still mind no change
आगे काली करंतु मते बुझि को इति कॉस्ट जगह विल
सर आपण I have you take rest if you take rest sufficiently no problem don't worry आपण पुलिस वाला
खाली मु काली
हैला बोली कोन पुलिस वाला 12 चलथिबो ना कोन हां
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଥିଲା ମୋର କିଛି latest
Nothing
ନାହିଁ।
doing,
କାଲି-
sir. This trial 6 months ଭିତରେ complete ହେବ। ଏଇଟା heinous crime କିଏ କରିଛି unless trial is taken, trial takes place, nothing will come out.
ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିନି।
302 and 300
Item 94.
I've sent it back. Next,
Item 94.
94.
next request my
Item 94.
94. Enandi. ये 17 मीटर था डिफेक्ट हो गई नहीं
Admission नहीं
एनी
admission नहीं notice है ये
डिफेक्ट हो गई नहीं बीच हाँ
minor defect थोड़ा सा defect रखना चाहिए
minor defect okay let's matter on 7th next
95.
95
Item 95.
95 say 7 go there 96
96.
no please let it also important 96
May I please?
आपण का पाई
Petition. Yes.
कौन केस था
Dear my lord, the order dated 21/1/2017 passed in 319 petition is under. Initially, FIR was lodged, but when charge sheet was filed,
what happened what is the issue
issue is there was some dispute with regard to the father has filed a FIR against these persons. That his son has been assaulted by these petitioners along with others. Then,
who is the petitioner
Lordship,
who is the petitioner
petitioner are 3 in number here.
who are they
They are the co-villagers. The father of the victim,
who is the victim
the son of the informant has been.
okay sir clear करंतु who is the victim
Victim ହେଲା ଅବିନାଶ ତା ପୁଅ ମାନେ
ଏଟା କଣ ଗାଁ ରେ କୋ ଭିଲେଜ ଭିତରେ ଝଗଡା
ଭିଲେଜ ଭିତରେ ଝଗଡା ହେଲା
ସେ
ଯେ
ତ ସେ
ପୁଅକୁ ମାରିଦେଲେ ବୋଲି।
ହଁ
ମଦ ଖାଇକି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ସେମାନେ
ମାରିଦେଲେ ତାକୁ
ନା ନା
ହଁ ବାଡେଇଲେ ଖାଲି
ମାରିଦେ ନା 307 ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
307
ଆଲିଗେସନ ପରେ
କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେ
he has been discharged from hospital and
କଣ କୋଉଠି ମାରିଥିଲେ ମାର
ପିଠିରେ ବାଜିଲା ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
କୋଉଥିରେ ଠେଙ୍ଗାରେ ନା ଖଣ୍ଡାରେ ନା
ଟାଙ୍କିଆ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ନାଁରେ ସେ କହିଛନ୍ତି she has been charge sheeted, not the present petitioners.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୋଲ କଣ ଥିଲା
ଏମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଏମାନେ ବି ଥିଲେ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବୋଲି କିନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଖିଲେ କଣ ଥିଲା
161 ରେ ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଏମାନେ ନଥିଲେ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଟିକେ Page 29 Schedule 1
Yes.
yes
Who is the victim?
कौन
At this spot, Pinaki called. Pinaki which is number 2. Petitioner number 2 here. Appellant number Pinaki. Pinaki called me to the side with Kalia, Tulu, and Dilip. Where they are?
all three
No, my lord, no, Kalia is not here.
Kalia no sorry
Dilip was there.
Dilip was there. Another person
Suddenly, all accused. He's the petitioner number 3, madam. Dilip. Suddenly, accused persons assaulted me by chapel, sword, etc. And when they tried to assault me on my head, and I sat down. The accused on my backbone assaulted on my backbone and head. Pinaki and Dilip. Same also deposition one of the co-villager, my lord.
so what do you want
Charge sheet କେବଳ ଜଣକ ନାଁରେ ହେଇଛି କାଳିଆ ଯିଏକି ଏମାନେ ନାହାନ୍ତି।
younger nar
Thereafter, prosecution has filed a petition under section 319 to add these petitioners as the accused person. That is where some
rightly filed sir their role is there you are together
no, in the
so you are challenging that order
yes.
I am not entertaining that your role is there so you at least for your examining all of this you will be required
Out of PW3 तारा से
ଆପଣ କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ହେଲେ କାଇଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
The victim himself 161 ରେ କହିଲା ଯେ କେବଳ ଜଣେ କାଳିଆ ମତେ ମାରିଲା।
ନା
ନାଇଁ 161
161
ତାପରେ
sir
ଚାର୍ଜ
164
ସିଟ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ରେ ବି police after investigation thorough investigation has filed charge sheet against only one person is Kalia, not named these three petitioners.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ସେମାନେ କରିଛନ୍ତି। That's why he has been there.
Admittedly, there is a village dispute my lord, with regard to
Village dispute je
alcohol, consumption of alcohol.
but village dispute ଚାବୁଡା ବିଧା ମାରିଥାନ୍ତି ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରି କାଁ ଦୌଡୁଥିଲେ ତାହେଲେ village dispute ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରିବା ଜରୁରୀ।
That is the allegation.
allegation ମାନେ ଲୋକ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି allegation କେମିତି
After investigation, nothing found.
ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଫେସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି। That will be over.
In that view of the matter, my lord, shall I pray one thing?
Yes.
Let them participate in the process, my lord. On surrendering, they shall be released so that the trial can be proceeded because.
That's what I'm saying, sir. I'm saying that only.
Yes.
Fairly you are saying.
Yes.
That's it.
Because the trial has been stayed for a long period.
Yes.
No, they have been protected by this honorable court.
They are
Further
protected,
proceeding
na?
has been stayed by this honorable.
Huh?
The further proceeding of the case has been stayed by this honorable court.
Stay with it. And let the petitioners participate in the trial. And the trial be completed within a period of 6 months since the matter has been. କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କେବେ ଏଇ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ Charges have already been filed since 23rd March 2016. The long out of time has been necessarily wasted in the meantime. Since the way of the stay in the trial. Hence, the learned trial is decided to complete the trial as expeditiously as possible. This way.
They may be released on bail.
Huh?
Great.
Next.
97.
97.
Therefore, Mr. Guru Mayor came called after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 17 matter पर ऐसे time मांगुଛନ୍ତି कौन बनी?
Mother's illness, out of station.
21st February.
For the respondent, ma'am.
Okay, 21st. You know, we don't have a problem. We don't have a problem. 21st February. Next.
Item 99.
99. 99. Copy.
Petition.
Petition. Yes. What is the matter?
The last order, it was to deposit amount of 2 lakh rupees, but subsequently the petitioner's father's died. So he was under a promise and then the COVID continued. So kindly give us 15 days so we can
deposit.
2 lakh. 12 lakhs is the deposit. Because
तो अगर 2 lakh करो तो 12 lakh देखिए. Let them deposit 2 lakh within 15.
He has also gone on loss during this COVID time. So he.
ठीक है जे 2 lakh अगर दियो to show your bona fide. After that we will see. Unless the matter 16 days.
16 deposit by
15. By 15. Next.
Item 100.
100.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord. Here is arranging to DB case, my lord. My lord, last of the lordship until issue notice and a requisite file.
Annuity file.
Opposite party appeal.
Annuity.
Asi, Mr. A.K. Pandey.
Fine. Why is Mr. Pandey? Non-appeals for the opposite party. I would tell that those. None of us for opposite party. This is the matter on 7th. Tell Mr.
101.
Pandey to come. Hello.
101.
101. None. Okay. Non-appeals. List the matter on 6th. 102.
102.
I am for the petitioner. I am praying for some time on behalf of my learned senior GN Mrs.
My lord, I am appealing for the opposite party wife, my lord. Here the amount of maintenance, the maintenance granted by the High Court below was confirmed in appeal. That was the subject matter of challenge, my lord. Whenever the matter was also heard at length, and whenever the matter now coming subsequently, they are taking time. You lordship may fix a date, short date. You lordship may fix 5th or 6th.
7. Don't take further
2 PM,
time.
my lord.
No party shall be granted further time on the next date of listing.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 103.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. 103.
In this case, I have challenged the order
The
passed.
last occasion, the matter was listed for appearance of the parties. My lord, my client is present.
Divorce has already been taken place, Your Lordship.
My lord.
Already taken place.
So,
Now, here is the case, your lordship last occasion directed to, here is the alimony already granted in divorce proceeding. My lord, if the husband, my lord, paid the entire amount, the lordship drop the case as per the statute.
have you paid them? Entire
No, no, my lord, I am for the husband.
Oh, sorry. You have
My
paid?
lord, my client says, my lord, after discussion with his parents, my lord, যদি সে appeal file କରିବ ତାହେଲେ କରିବ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ସେ payment କରିଦବ ଯଦି I advise my client to solve the dispute.
You take instruction.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା.
My lords, Your Lordship may
Let
say
him take instruction.
that some payment may be made, my lords, because
Let
I am
him take
without
with 2-3
ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛି
I am without, my lords, any income, my lords. I am it's difficult for my
Yeah, yeah.
survival, Your Lordship.
Your lordship kindly have a glance your lordship's
Always
order
they are
sheet.
taking
In
time,
spite
Lords.
of your lordship's direction, she could not present before your lordship.
Anyway,
Even through VC.
Your Lordship may kindly see 6/12/23, Your Lordship directed to take instruction regarding the payment of that amount.
months.
You
And it
take
is January. Let him pay some amount, my lords.
You paid in next date you have to pay something. Okay, I'm giving
ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଏବେ ଦେଇଛି
ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲେ କଣ ଦୟାକରି
ନା ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ 1,63,000 ଦେଇଥିଲି
ଆହୁରି ଦେବେ
ନା your lordship
ଟୋଟାଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଏଲିମିନେସନ ହେଇଛି
17 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା 17 lakhs.
17 ଟଙ୍କା ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ସମୁଦ୍ରରୁ ଟଙ୍କେ ପାଣି ଆଉ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲେ କେତେ ଖୁସି ହେଇଯିବ ଆହୁରି ଦେବେ
7 ଦିନ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ରଖନ୍ତୁ your lordship had on merit.
Okay, I'm hearing and married for what?
In the domestic violence case.
Domestic violence के पैसा देवे आगे पैसा दियंतु. You can't be left high and dry. ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ନେ ଆପଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଶୁଣିବି
ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା
ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଦେବେ. List the matter on 8th February. In the meantime, the your petitioner. Here the
Plus, I am for the wife, my lords.
petitioner किए?
2 revisions are filed. In one case, I am the petitioner. In the other
Okay,
case,
in the first petitioner, इतने petitioner ये ना. तन्मय कुमार साहू the petitioner the next year, lah.
my lords.
And it's respondent कर दे. In the 103 if the opposite party husband to deposit ₹1 lakh before the next date. On the next date. It court रे देवे, है before this court. $1 lakh before the court. It will be handed over to the most सामना देवे तो गला 1 lakh to the opposite party.
Draft.
जहाँ तो उछले तो नेवे पैसा नहीं
Your lordship kindly see.
draft दे देवे draft 1 lakh shall be handed over to the opposite party.
11 month ରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା 1 lakh
ଆଉ
rupees
ଗପ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଅର୍ଡର କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଫଲୋ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏତେ ଆଉ 11 ରେ କଣ କରିଥିଲେ ମୋତେ ଇତିହାସ ପଢାନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ
The previous date I already paid 1,63,000.
ଆପଣ ଦୟା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଆଗ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପଛେ କଥା ହଉଛି 1 lakh rupees next date next
Item 104.
Lord 104, this is arising out of a matrimonial dispute. Lord, during pendency of this revision, Lord, there is a development. Lord, there is a compromise between the husband and the wife at Singapore, and a consent decree has been passed where the husband has paid 24 lakhs towards the permanent alimony.
That consent was in Singapore. The court was in Singapore.
Yes, consent decree has been passed.
So
And consent decree
now
is also
why this matter was here then?
Lord, here, my lord, the wife had filed 2 proceedings here, my lord. The domestic violence proceeding and a
Singapore ରେ ରହୁଛି domestic violence ଏଠି ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛି
domestic violence proceeding was filed, And another
अरे
is
सुनो
125 maintenance.
सिंगापुर रोज एठी केना डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस फाइल कले एठी काहे की और सिंगापुर झगड़ा लागबे डीबीएफटी फाइल करी
हाँ सिंगापुर झगड़ा है डिबेट फाइल करके unnecessarily the husband the brother sister in law and your lordship kindly see for a moment the affidavit. I have filed the affidavit.
इनको पता नहीं है लेट हिम टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन
given the
दो दिन पर अच्छा क्लाइंट
आगे आगे दिन पर
लिस्ट मैटर
कहीं दे
फिफ्थ नो
you have taken the money from 24 lakhs from
ये तो
September.
तमाम क्लाइंट को ना रुआ अबे कॉस्ट इंपोज करी तो क्लाइंट को सिंगापुर झगड़ा लागे बड़ी इंडिया रे कहीं कोर्ट को हरान करिवो हां
In-laws man husband in-laws को नहीं के ना husband को नहीं
एठी तो कांटेक्ट कर बोली
they have never share household at a single day.
Okay, next we'll see next
105.
Let your lordship sing it to fifth
105
May it please your lordship.
105.
I am in VC, your lordship.
My lord, I pray for short adjournment as the Learned Counsel for the respondent is
council for the external court बसछु तापण टाइम देबा पई खाली के बुझी खाइ गला कि हॉस्पिटल गला कि कोन एते काम what is the matter about
This is regarding the maintenance order passed under the DV Act is under challenge. Your lordship directed me to pay the amount that is deducted from my salary. So
Yeah.
if he is seeking an adjournment, your lordship may grant me.
ठीक है
there is no-
so fair granted okay list the matter on 7th
Your lordship may kindly grant it to some other day, your lordship, because I have to also obtain instruction.
15 hours Hala next
106.
what is it go Gyan Foundation
I am for opposite party number 2.
who is for the petitioner non appears list the matter on March logas खाली पाखापाखि सब के आसना 6th 7th दिन लगे चलो 6th March
107.
7, my lord. As for the last order, for your lordship, my lord, the petitioner has furnished an affidavit. In that affidavit, it has been revealed that 30,000 in the current 35 out of 35,000, 30,000 he has been paid. And altogether, my lord, so far outstanding is concerned, 92,000 and currently 30,000. Altogether, my lord, 1,22,000 has been paid out of 2,02,000 some odd amount.
Your lordship may
rest
kindly-
of the amount is paid
Just now, he served me a copy of the
I know,
affidavit.
it is also-
Your lordship may kindly see order dated 9/8/2023. This honorable court, while staying the execution proceeding, directed to pay 7,500 rupees per month. But your lordship may kindly see the affidavit.
He is no more in service, my lord.
3,000, 2,000, 5,000, just like he is paying.
But the total outstanding so far the order.
So total outstanding dues is.
ଆଜ୍ଞା 2,02,000 ରୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲକ୍ଷେ
So your lordship
22,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ସାରିଲେଣି ସାର୍।
Because of the, they have
you
taken
have to
stay
pay
order.
that this is not when a court passes an order you have to comply with the order can't say 2,000 3,000 এটা কোন because হউଛନ୍ତି
No, that is
court
not-
order to you have to comply with the court order
My lord, but the petitioner predicament is that my lord he is no more in service, my lord.
that sir ଯାହାର domestic violence case matrimonial case ଲାଗଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ no more in service
No,
I
it is
don't
on the
know
record.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫର୍ମୁଲା ବତେଇବି ବହୁତ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଗଲେ ମାନେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ପେରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହିଦେବି କାମ କରୁଥିବେ ପେରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହିଦେବେ ଆସିକିରି ଯଦି ଖୋଜିବେ ଆପଣ ପେରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହିବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ କାମ କରୁଥିବେ
No, my lord, it is in the record, my lord.
ହଁ
Your lordship can have a
ଏମିତି
glance at page
ଚାଲିଛି
13. Page 13, it is clearly indicated that he is contractual, purely basing upon the
when was he
contractual
working
service.
where was he working
He was working as a manager in the district mineral foundation, my lord.
କୋଉଠି
District mineral foundation.
mineral
Out
foundation
of outsourcing, my lord. Page 13, your lordship can have a glance.
mineral foundation କେଉଁଝରରେ
No, my lord, in Sundargarh district, my lord.
mineral foundation this is what this is CSR activities CSR company ମାନଙ୍କର CSR fund ସେଟା
My lord. But he is no more in service. That tenure is already been over, my lord. That is 3rd April 2017 to 26 May
चाकरी
2022.
नहीं बोले that is not a ground. That is not a ground.
And his monthly salary is
he-
34,850.
That what?
Learned code below granted only 4,500. Appellate code
अपना
granted
rest of
10,000.
the amount pay करो तो. You pay the rest of the amount.
Mine.
Within how much time?
And mother and son, two opposite parties.
कितने केबे
And
करी?
son is also reading my letter.
Some 1 month time you can be granted.
1 month time रे pay करी. आओ ऐसे कि 2,000 4,000 खेला करी नहीं. This is not proper. Court order this one, it will follow the order. The land council of the petitioner to pay the outstanding maintenance amount within 29th February, failing which the petition, the court shall be constrained to pass some adverse order. There's no other way I will pass adverse order. Next. Time is 29th लगा next.
Item 109.
109.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner for my learned senior Mr. Dayanand Mahapatra. I pray for some time, my lords.
2018 matter कितने time लगेगा?
My lord, first time uchi second old matter ta short time may be given, will be prepared.
Okay, 27th February. Next.
Much obliged, my. Item 111.
11. There is a noting.
Hmm.
LCR is not there and there is a noting.
Condonation of delay is not there. Have you filed condonation of delay?
Condonation of bail has already been granted, my lord, by admitting the matter.
अच्छा, admit is.
Admit है कि bail has been granted, man, by the order dated.
So this is for final hearing.
And for hearing it is.
March 2nd will there is. So 14 March.
14.
112.
112.
112.
Item 112.
What gale? Mr. Behera. Non-APS. March with the 7th March. 113.
113.
It's a reversing judgment, madam.
Hmm?
It is our case under section 130 of the Act.
Hmm.
And the court below has convicted. But appellate court reversed the finding.
So you are here
So
against that order.
Madam?
You are here against the order.
Madam. So I pray some time. Maybe
Which for the opposite party?
I am appealing for respondent, my lord.
Okay. So you want to file a written note of submission.
Madam.
And counsel the petitioner to file a written note of submission. A brief brief bracketed 3 pages. Max 3 pages. No submission. And the next item is estimated. 23rd February. Next.
114.
114. 14. Non-APS.
I am at a basic milord or I am for the OP milord.
Petitioner the nice sir.
Again.
Place the matter on 5th March. 115.
115.
May I please, your lordship? I will kindly be taken after 2 weeks. I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Chand.
What is your name?
Amrit Rath.
Huh?
Amrit Rath.
Amrit?
Ratha.
Ratha. So, will you argue?
My lord, I do not have any power in this.
You do not have power, I'll give you the power. But how much power you need? Kete volt darkar? What is a power? Power. A product traditional language kotha kochi. Power, power. I don't have a color nama. You can see like this. So 7th March. ये एंकर खाली एडजमेंट छड़ा किसी नहीं डिसमिस करे आरंभ जब करी दौड़ी आसो ना ये रख पावर फार चढ़ी नहीं नाइन्थ रे रखो नाइन्थ टेल द सीनियर नो नो की आर्गुमेंट करो टाइम ने लो डिसमिस कर दो स्ट्रेट विदाउट अच्छा 15 तक रखिए ठीक है सीडी रखो every time the people take time next
119.
119
May I please? The petitioner challenge the order dated
डिफेक्ट क्योर कर दी चली
डिफेक्ट गोटे ओरिजिनल कॉपीटा ଦେଇନଥିଲି ଯୋଉ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ନହେଲେ ଷ୍ଟେଟରେ
ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଅରିଜିନାଲଟା
ନା ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏବେ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ୍ କପିଟା ମଗେଇଛି ତ ସାର୍
କେବେ ଦେବି
ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍
ठीक है 12
Obvious.
defect will remove by 12
120.
Today I'm filing. First time I'm asking today.
Yeah,
For all opposite
party
opposite party.
I'm for the petitioner wife, my lord.
okay give me a copy you given copy
I don't know. No.
good copy दियंतु
No.
give me a copy
My lord. I don't need short date maybe granted.
Just
So
background.
5.
ठीक है 8 February
My lord.
आगे आची that's all
May I please, my lord.
say something
Item 117, I mean received, my lord.
what happened
It was not called. 117 item now.
that somebody had appear
Adjourn in the
somebody asked for adjournment
ये appear करनଥିଲେ बोल से time
कई appear करनଥିଲେ
I
कई appear करनଥିଲେ matter डॉल रखा इदिला
ने फास्ट आवर के मेंशन करଥିଲେ सकाळे
somebody mentioned
adjourn
Adjournment.
somebody mentioned in the first hour
13th
Today I have filed Vinama for opposite party.
ठीक है
And I am